with it. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, bet me. I'll come on this bitch and holler at me, bro. Give me 1 second. Now, bitch, your mics holler at me, man. I say, yeah, what's up, y'all? Yeah.
What up?
Oh, what's good, gang?
Go.
The neighborhood, you already know what it is. Hanging on the neighborhood.
Raiders in the
We
Fucking just
giving
smoked
up.
Take
TP
over the
right before they
world,
got on
man.
here.
Y'all in
Do
that
it,
mode.
man.
Y'all in
Snack in
that
the
mode.
The good
building.
Y'all in
dog
that
shit,
mode,
nigga.
boy.
Nigga Marcus cranking Esco. What we looking at, baby?
Man, where the hell you
Y'all know
been,
the
man?
Nigga
You
say,
put
vibes.
your money on it, man.
Yeah.
Now
For
go.
president, nigga. Talking about we the
Yeah.
ones
Come on,
that
let's
got
do
this
it.
city
About to
for
get some more powder.
president, nigga.
Nebraska in this bitch.
Yeah, lock
Smoking on
in,
some
lock
Nebraska in
in.
this
word up,
bitch.
man.
Navy in this
Everybody
water
in
in
this
this
These
bitch.
bitch.
So
motherfuckers
what's up?
got no
Take
A-Town
your
stand in
truly,
this
man.
Detroit, you know.
Shit,
That's
money
we
in
on
the
the
bank.
traitors in
Oh,
this
Shit,
bitch up
man.
in here, man.
shit, money in the bank.
Gang.
Popping, man.
Nah,
Nah,
word
bro,
up.
no
Drop where you from in the
colliding,
chat, man.
bitch.
Where y'all tapping in from? Drop that bitch in the chat. What city you from? What city you from? Drop it in the chat.
Man,
All of
Chicago.
them in the chat. Drop it in the chat. Where you
Chicago in
from? Where
this
you
bitch.
from?
ATL.
Bronx. Y'all know the vibes. Y'all see the vibes, man.
Y'all see the vibes, man.
Man,
Know what I'm
Chicago,
saying?
tap
Y'all see
in.
Durham. I see Virgin Islands, Indiana, New York, Cali,
Memphis
South
10,
Florida,
man.
Atlanta, Texas,
All right.
Duval. Shout out Duval.
DC out
Cameron
here.
in this
DC out this
bitch.
bitch.
Oklahoma in that hoe. Nebraska in that hoe. Flint, Michigan in that hoe with that little nasty water.
To see Memphis,
Tennessee.
man. Memphis.
Flint, Michigan,
Man.
that's my hometown, man.
And shit like Memphis, man. Ain't nothing bigger than the city. You hear me?
Yeah, man, it sound like
Yeah,
Shiesty
around there.
over there.
Shiesty right there, cuz.
Flint water.
Don't need her,
That
ain't
ain't
it?
sorry.
You know that nigga from Memphis, man. Nigga
Flint
straight
water.
from Memphis, man.
My soul, that was
Got Shiesty cream in the
Have a
joint.
trade. You hear me?
Word up, word up, word up. Last question before we get this shit started, man. Last question before we get this shit started. First time being on this call with me and my gang. Your first time seeing me on Zoom. Give me one in the chat, man. Your first time being on the call with me and my squad before. One's in the chat. If you brand new, never been on the call with me and my squad before. You trying to see what the hype about type shit.
Yo, Esco, you echoing, bro.
That's not my fault. It's one of y'all niggas need to unmute your mic. Some of y'all gotta mute your mic.
Wow.
Somebody gotta mute that bitch.
Damn.
As a matter of fact, I got it.
I'm trying to jump in the signals group with you, man.
Word up. Let
Let
me see all these ones in
the
this
nigga
bitch.
in.
See all these ones in this motherfucker, bro. We do this call. We say that we do this. We ask the same question every single call, bro. And just go.
We
It just
still
goes to
holding
show, bro, how much
DJ.
we grow every single goddamn title. How many? Goddamn, I'm stuck on like a motherfucker. It just goes to show how much we got them grow every single week. You see what I'm saying? The fact that we have this many new members every single time we run a call, bro. I just let niggas know, bro. This shit is getting colossal. Y'all should know that shit by now. Trade is new trap, nigga. Drop it in the chat. Trade is new trap. Trade is new trap. Drop that shit in the chat, nigga. You know what I mean? Trading is a new trap for sure. All right. I'm gonna give y'all a quick introduction on who I am, where I come from, real quick while I roll my blunt. And then we'll get the shit popping. All right. So if you don't know already, my name is Tracy Esco Jr. You know, I've been trading since 2019. You see what I'm saying? Prior to this goddamn trading shit, I was in the streets. That's why we preach this shit. Trade is new trap, nigga. I did 2 years in prison. You know what I mean? For kicking doors and going to cribs and stealing shit, nigga. I was the burglar, nigga. You know what I mean? Until I got snitched on by my best motherfucking friend. I had to do 2 years for some shit that me and that nigga did and he ain't do no goddamn time. You know what I'm saying? So but I did 2 years in prison. I came home. I already knew that goddamn a nigga had to find some type of way to replace that paper I was making in the streets. But legally, somebody else taught me about motherfucking trade, and I didn't know I was gonna be a trader. I don't think no one on this call thought it was gonna be a trader until goddamn, you feel me? Somebody put him across the goddamn plate. Yeah, I mean, yeah, that nigga in prison now. Yeah, it's crazy. He is doing the time now for sure. Hey, but that's besides the point. Hey, um, yeah, bro. I started trading. I didn't know I was gonna be a trader, but I had a close friend that was an IML back in the day. One's the chat. He started this shit off at IML back in the day, man. One's the chat. You were IML, baby. You know what I mean? IML. You started off on IML back in the day, man. You know what I mean? Look how many of us came from the same motherfucking place. You know what I mean? Shout out to IML. One for IML, one of us wouldn't be here. You know what I mean? But a lot of IML also got them exposed the real and the fake. So if you still here, 7, 8 years later, popping these motherfucking trades, learning these goddamn markets, and you an IML baby. That means you understood the longevity, nigga. You ain't never give the fuck up. You stayed in front of what you was finna stay in front of the whole time. And for that, I want y'all to drop flames in the chat for all my IML babies that never gave the fuck up. That means 6, 7 years worth of grind, nigga. We still here. Flames in the chat for my IML niggas. That means that we've been grinding this whole. You know what I'm saying? These are facts. These are facts. Everybody else that got them was an IML, them niggas is dead and gone now. Yeah, all these niggas do not trade no more. You understand what I'm saying? The fact that y'all are still here, y'all means I ain't no motherfucking quitters, nigga. I ain't no bitches, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Everybody else, they some bitches. You understand that? So shout out to y'all, man. Once again, I was got them starting the IML. Y'all drop in the chat how long y'all stayed in IML. I'm curious about that. I don't never usually ask that question. How long y'all stay in IML? How long did it take before you was like, all right, bitch, fuck this shit? No. How long did you stay in that motherfucker? You was like, all right, nigga, this shit ain't shit. I see 2 years, 3 months, 1 year. That nigga said 3 days. Bitch, you ain't tried nothing, nigga. Oh God, nah. 3 days ain't long enough for you to even know if that shit was a cap or not, nigga. You ain't do nothing in no damn 3 days, nigga. No, so 2 years, 6 months, 7 months, years, 3 months, P150. I was P150 too. Mm-hmm. It was real hard for me to be a recruiter back in the day. I was still broke. God, I'm telling niggas, hey, nigga, I teach you how to get rich. And everybody know me. I'm staying in my car and shit. Oh, so it didn't even make sense. But it took me about 6 months. You know what I'm saying? It took me about
You
6
don't know?
months of me being in that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying?
Hello?
Before I said, fuck this shit. This shit ain't shit. But once again, I was teaching at IML, bro. Like, IML taught me a couple
My
different
bad. All right,
things.
can you hear me?
Hold on. It's too what? Anywho, so goddamn boom. There's a couple things that IML had taught me back when I was in that bitch. Everybody in that motherfucker won't shit on God, because how the fuck y'all niggas ain't talking about shit at all in this motherfucker. Secondly, it taught me that I had a gift. It taught me I had a gift for teaching, because goddamn, I won't making no type of money whatsoever in IML whatsoever. You know what I mean? But at the same time, nigga, I would be able to go on these calls. Remember that go live sessions and shit. I'll go on that bitch and goddamn watch them go live sessions, then go back and just teach that shit verbatim. And I would make niggas like not hundreds of thousands, not back then, but goddamn 5 figures, bro, easily. I'll get phone calls, bro. You just made me 20. You just made me 30. 5, 6, 4,000, all that little small shit, bro. You see what I'm saying? Off of me just got them reciprocating information that I didn't even know nothing about. Just watching the video and then come back on the call and doing it. And I would start getting a lot of people on my calls. I started having like 200 people on the motherfucking call. It's fucking insane. You know what I mean? So goddamn, um, it taught me that I had a gift for teaching, as well as it taught me that everybody in that motherfucker was some bullshit. Because how am I the new nigga teaching y'all? You know what I mean? Type shit. You know what I'm saying? So I left that motherfucker and I started trading for about 3 years by myself. It took me 3.5 years to become profitable. It took me 3.5 years to make a dime. You see what I'm saying? Because I would make money and I would give it right the fuck back. I'd make $100. It wouldn't be enough. I would try to make that $100, $200, and give all that shit right the fuck back. I was in that shit for 3 years. And I was doing the same thing. Got them jumping from signal chat to signal chat, mentorship to mentorship, all that good, same thing that y'all niggas doing. Until I came across the information that I know today. Smart money concepts. All right, smart money concepts. It's how the banks trade. You know what I'm saying? I learned this information right here that I'm gonna show you guys how I mark up with tonight. I learned this information right here and everything fucking changed. You know what I'm saying? It taught me why I was losing my trades. It taught me why I was doing stupid shit that I was doing. I had a $17 account on Friday. Sunday, that bitch at 17,000. So I flipped $17 and 17,000 in 2 days off of this shit right here on some lucky shit, over leverage and shit. But it taught me something. It taught me that nigga, this money real. A lot of people don't be believing in this shit until that money hit their bank account. You know what I'm saying? My first withdrawal was $17,000. So and my first withdrawal was enough to be like, all right, bitch, let me take this shit serious. You know what I'm saying? Fast forward to today, that's when I really started pushing this goddamn wave y'all see me doing today with this trade, this new trap shit. So I ain't no nigga that can keep my mouth closed when it comes to making paper. I gotta tell somebody. You know what I'm saying? Which is why I started pushing the wave y'all see me pushing today. We've been pushing this wave for the last few years, bro. Fast forward to this year. Last month was my biggest trading month of my career. I made $127,000 off of a trading last month alone, last 30 days. You know what I'm saying? So it just goes to goddamn show. Stay down with this motherfucking shit, nigga. This has got them 8, 9 years and they goddamn make it. You understand? So with that being said, got them stay down with this shit, bro. It don't matter how long it take. I've been full-time trading for about 4 years now. But all that shit y'all be seeing me doing now, they caught y'all eyes, didn't pop off until maybe like a year ago. You see what I'm saying? So goddamn, it took me a long time to get to where I'm at today as far as riches go. You know what I mean? Even though I've been a full-time trader for motherfucking almost 4 years. But I've only been shit popping since last year. Just goes to show that, bro. When I came in this bitch and I first became full-time, I wasn't necessarily worried about getting rich. I was trying to replace the bills. That's what I was able to do. I replaced the bills off the shit. And as I got them trading type shit, you feel me? I was able to compound and grow to where the fuck we at today. But the point I'm trying to make is nigga don't come in this bitch trying to get rich overnight. That's what I was trying to do for the whole goddamn first 3-4 years. And that shit fucked me up. You see what I'm saying? Once we figured out that psychology is the real name of the game, discipline is the real name of the game, we was able to take the shit that we know on the charts and come up with an actual plan to really turn nothing into something. That's when we started seeing success. You know what I mean? So that's my story real quick. I ain't gonna talk y'all head off as far as who I am and where I come from, all that bragging shit. I'd much rather show y'all what I know on these charts. We're gonna do some markups in a second. In the meantime, between time before we get started, y'all have any questions on, you know what I mean, who I am, where I just came from, type shit, any questions on what I just said before I get this bitch started?
Plug that motherfucking laptop up. That bitch sound like a kid, bro.
That's not my that's something else. I don't know what that's not the goddamn my shit's laptop. My shit's plugged up. I don't know what the fuck keep going off.
Oh, nice go. I can't figure out how the fuck to get the money off Bitcoin.
Niggas come in. That's every time niggas come into the chat.
What?
That's
I'm
every
trying
time
to
niggas
figure
come
out how to add my money from Bitcoin to, you feel me, my deposit.
Go YouTube that shit. That's a little bit too basic. I can't explain the shit on the
Trying
phone
to appreciate
without
you.
having cash up. Go YouTube that
I
shit.
want to get into the signals group
All
with you.
right, all you gotta do is just go to
Say
Robinhood, deposit the bread in Robinhood, and just buy Bitcoin, or just send the money to your Bitcoin wallet from Robinhood.
I got to turn that shit off, bro. Hold on.
Hey, I got a question.
What's up?
It's on in the back office how to deposit.
Cash
What's up
App
with the
too.
question?
Don't
You got a
forget about
question?
Cash App.
How'd you use Cash App?
Cash App way easier.
Yeah, Cash App
Cash
easy,
App way
but
easier.
it just Cash App
Bitcoin.
take
Boom.
forever.
So
Cash App is
boom,
the
when
easiest
when I when
method.
I
It's
buy
just
the
gonna
when
take
I
some
buy
of
the
your money
Bitcoin
though.
on Cash App, what I do after that?
Or download MoonPay, bro.
Go on
Just buy.
Kraken Pro, it's cheaper.
Let's go. I got a
I ain't gonna
question.
lie, bro. YouTube that shit, bro. Go to
Yeah,
some
I'm
Hey
about to
gang,
say, bro.
bro.
Come on, man.
Cash App.
Certain things is a little bit too goddamn simple. Y'all can go YouTube that shit now. Y'all could have been YouTube that shit. You know what I'm saying? Depositing an account, nigga, go YouTube that shit. Give me a real question. What's up?
Man, that's why I call it a
Hey,
smartphone.
I got a question about
What's
You
up?
niggas acting. All
me and
right.
my partner. We were trying to join your mentorship. We were trying to see if you got some shit in October. Is you doing
October?
it for
Yeah, I
the month
will.
of
It's
October?
2,000 for both of y'all. I mean, 2,000 a piece, my fuck. Whenever y'all ready for October. I'll let me.
Let's go. I got a question.
What up?
What markets do you think is the best to trade on?
Gold.
The only market?
Yeah.
Let me
Gold.
ask you a real question, Tracy.
What's up?
Gold the safest.
How long, I mean, I ain't gonna say how long. Let me not even put a duration time on it. For you to feel confident, how would you say, all right, even if you're beginner on gold, to understand the strategy, come up with your own analysis,
Yeah.
how long did it take for you to get comfortable and figure out your own analysis as far as that?
It took all the experience that I got with these shot them charts and putting that shit on gold. If you wait, you're asking how long it took me to understand gold, like how I understand gold now, nigga, 9 years. Yeah, I mean, y'all gotta understand, but this shit is fucking experience at its finest. Bro. I can teach y'all niggas. I can teach y'all niggas how to read this market tonight, nigga. That don't mean you're gonna make money tomorrow. It's just experience, gang. You see what I'm saying? So, like, with that being said, goddamn, like, it's not necessarily the knowledge, bro. You feel what I'm saying? It's motherfuckers that come in this bitch with the most basic support and resistance ass strategies in the world, still making money to y'all. Why? Because it's mastered. You see what I'm saying? It's mastery and it's discipline at its finest. So, and another thing I want to say is don't worry about how long it took for me to figure shit out. You understand? Because with that being said, goddamn, like you comparing your time to my time is how you gonna get fucked up. Because if I tell your ass it took me goddamn a year, and then the year go by for you and you shit on God, now you're gonna feel fucked up. You're gonna feel depressed.
Nah, not necessarily. I'm not asking because I'm a realistic person. Like I said, it's reality. You know, I'm a God-fearing man. So if I could hear a story that I could relate to, then I feel like again that's motivating me. You feel me? That's all it is.
For sure. I just want niggas be ask me that shit on the wrong goddamn type time. A lot of niggas ask me that shit, like how long it take you, feel what I'm saying?
Right.
Because when I give them a specific answer and then they may be beyond that time, say for example, I say a year and you 2 years in. That make a nigga goddamn feel all depressed and shit. You know what I'm saying?
Second
So
guess,
you know
yeah.
what I mean? So when you ask me
I
that
think
question,
it's less of your strategy and more your psychology.
it is.
More than
That's
anything.
exactly what it is. But once again, bro, The strategy is a strategy. I'm not gonna sit here and act like the strategy doesn't make shit 10 times easier. It does. But once again, there's niggas, as we all know, there's niggas that trade with 5 trillion indicators on their chart and doing all types of crazy ass shit and still make a lot more money than us. Why? Because it's mastery and discipline. They know how to risk manage. There's niggas that have a lot less accuracy than us. The strategy way ass than our strategy, nigga. I'm talking about these niggas. I say this shit every call. Best trade, some of the best trades in the world ain't nothing but 20-30% accurate, nigga.
Right.
Them lose a whole bunch and then win 1-2 trades and win all that shit back plus some, nigga. It's not about the accuracy. It's not about the strategy. It's about mastery, risk management, and discipline. That's what it's about.
That's a bit hurt.
And the amount of time it takes for you to develop those 3 skill sets, that shit can vary. It all depends on the person. You see what I'm saying? As we all know, discipline is one of the hardest things to master on planet Earth, especially when it comes to money. You see what I'm saying? So that right there can vary, bro. The second that you can tighten the fuck up and say you're gonna get rich, point period.
Don't chase the bread. Just chase the education.
Exactly, brother. Exactly. Don't chase the money. Chase the goddamn skill set. Chase the knowledge. The money falls in your lap for sure.
Yeah, 3 years in the trading.
I got one more question, bro.
Silver 2 or just gold?
Stop, tell me. What a question. Last question. We get started.
Yo, I got one more question, bro.
What's up?
So if you had a lot size of 4,000, right? If you had a 4,000 in your account, right? What lot size would you use max?
Oh, ask me that. I empty clips. Oh shit.
That nigga stupid.
Bro, I empty the whole fucking clip of that
Ugly.
bitch. Now, realistically speaking,
That's
4,000,
my
nigga,
problem.
4,000,
Bro, you should be
4,000,
using
nigga,
1%
50.
of your account, bro.
Man, fuck all that.
Every time I try to empty the clip, I always get banged. I ain't never emptied the clip.
For me, 4,000, I'm dropping 50 cents on gold. At least. And that's me being very, very, very conservative, bitch. Because I'll be dropping 2-3
I'm
standards
dropping
for fucking
50
1,500 of my shit. No, gang, I don't give a fuck.
I'm
But
dropping
realistically
50 cent
speaking,
on
you know what I mean? 50 cent with 4,000, that's safe for sure. That's safe.
Hey,
Especially on
can
gold.
you?
I don't know about anything.
I bet.
I'm talking about
Appreciate that,
specifically on
bro.
gold. For
Bro,
sure.
1%
Hey,
is
let's
like
get this started,
$40, bro. Drop $40 on a trade, bro.
Hey, Tracy.
What, nigga?
As far as the mentorship, though, I'm really ready to cash you out, blood.
Shit, I like the way that sound, boy. Go ahead and hit me. Talking about you money ready, boy. Let me know, boy.
Nah, I'm definitely money ready. I don't think I'm ready for the 6 months though, but anything like up under that, I mean, I was just down there thinking 6 months though, cause shit, 6 months, shit. I know for sure I can make that 6K back with fucking with you.
And that shit is easy money. I don't mean to toot my own horn or nothing, but nigga, if y'all ever plan on fucking investing anything with me, nigga, the
All right,
money
so
that's being spent, I'm gonna make that shit. That's just nothing. That's what I do.
6K. What would you like? What would you like? Advise me to put into my account?
6K, what depends on what your goddamn budget is. 6K going to me.
I
So
know
whatever
the
you get on
6K.
top of that.
I'm like, all right, look, bro, I only got 1,000, 2,000 to play with now.
Nigga, what? I wouldn't even tell you to throw the whole shit in there. Realistically speaking, I know you want to make that pay back with the speed, nigga. I'll make you got them 6,000 for $500, nigga. If you, I'm telling you, like, nigga, don't if you plan on tapping in with mentorship or if you're doing free signal chat, anywhere in between, I don't give a fuck. Do not put your last.
Man, bro, I just blew 500 today on the account, bro. You don't tap the fuck in. Treat your account like a savings account. You don't
Keep
be
your account,
answering.
compound that hoe. Don't come in this motherfucker trying to goddamn like. I'm just using gang example, but once again, nigga, this is for anybody, man. If you plan on tapping in with anything, free signal chat, whatever the fuck, just listen. Don't trade with your last. So I'm talking about gang specifically. Say, yeah, I'm pay 6 racks. I got like 1,000, 2,000 left to got them chill with. Nigga, don't throw that whole 1,000, 2,000 left in that motherfucker. You see what I'm saying? I'm throwing 500 that bitch. I got 2,000, and I'm throwing 500 that bitch. I'm going for it 4 times. Hey, I much rather a nigga goddamn. If I had $1,000, right? This is just me too. This is just me, and it's based on my experience and how I became profitable. I mean, somebody else may tell you different. I'm telling you what I fucking do. If I had $1,000 left, I'd throw $100 in that bitch 10 times before I risk that whole 1,000 once and blow it. I'd much rather lose $100 that got 900 left and be able to do it all over again than to put a whole 1,000 in that bitch at one goddamn time and lose it all. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, whatever budget you got left after you tap in, or for those that just free signal chat say all you got left is $500. Don't put the whole 500 in that bitch, but go 100. Let me try and flip that hoe for you. You'll be very surprised on what them small numbers can get you.
Oh yeah, okay. Because it ain't nigga using his last. It was just, you feel me. What was after the 6? You know, that's 6,000. So you know,
Yeah,
nigga ain't
so
rich.
that's why I'm telling you. I don't want you to goddamn, you feel me, like those 6,000 plus another goddamn to win that motherfucker, that's a big investment. You see what I'm saying?
Right.
So with that being said, goddamn, if you was to go to 6K route, I bet throw 500 that bitch. Watch what I do. Watch me make that bitch twerk. And then if you like what I make on top of that, nigga, fund up more if you want to make more money faster. I just want you to
All
goddamn
right,
make
well,
sure that you pay your shit to
nigga,
serve it.
like, how can I like tap in with you like outside of this call so we can like really holler?
Yeah. DM me right now, real quick. Let me shoot you my number. Hit me on wherever the fuck you be hitting me at, but do it right now while I got my phone in my hand.
Yo, bro, I want to ask you something too.
Check your
Go ahead,
Telegram,
real quick
Trace.
before I get started. Where you hit
I
me
was
at,
gonna
gang?
say, bro. I was gonna say if I caught the $6,000 membership with you and stuff like that, I know you're gonna be able to teach me how to do it too. But do that come with like signals and stuff
Hold
like
on, I'm
that,
about to hit you right now.
so I can make
No,
the
bro.
money
I'm just gonna
back?
teach you how. I'm just gonna teach you how to trade and not make you any money at all. Oh my
I
nigga, you
can't
know the
even like
call
send
signals,
you a
man.
message.
Okay,
Come on, you
okay,
know the call
okay.
signals,
I
slime.
can't
So
even
Yes,
that
send
you
you a
got.
message. You heard me?
Who said that? Hit me on Telegram. Hit me on. This is my Telegram right here in the chat. But goddamn, whoever asks, goddamn, if they
Can
can't
we
speak
add
the
a
shit, come
group
on
Just
now,
chat
sent
brother.
it.
for the signals group?
Come on now, brother. You know what I mean? Of course I'm calling signals, brother. No, I'm just gonna
The,
teach you how to do this shit.
No, I'm
certified sniper
saying
group.
a chat for the signals group.
Yes, brother. Yes, brother. You get all that. You get everything
Can we
you need
let
to
the
see.
man?
You
Can we
get
let the
every
man
single
get
thing
off
I
this
got.
shit, please?
Oh God, look. You're gonna get every single thing I got to offer if you tap it with mentorship. All right, I'm gonna explain this shit at the end. I'll stay on the call until the end. I don't want anybody to think I'm on this bitch advertising shit. You know, most of the shit we do is free in this motherfucker. So for anybody that's got them tapped in, is trying to really get tapped in with like mentorship and shit like that. Save the shit to the goddamn end so that people don't think that I'm on here advertising shit because I'm really not. So for those that are interested, and B, we can get this markup started for those that came here for once. Came here for
It's
that.
good.
You know
I
what I
just
mean?
hit
So
you too though, but it's good.
where you at? On Telegram? This
Yeah.
this
This walk. I'm gonna
SRT
text your
scat?
phone. Yeah, my shit say profit takers.
Profit takers.
Profit
I don't see.
takers.
I
Take.
see a Tommy. I see a Trey from Penwood. I see Take Profit.
Yeah, that's it right there.
Take Profit. Oh, that's you. All right, bet. Text my phone. That's my
Let's
number right
go.
here. All right, but let's get shit started, man. All right, so look, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna keep y'all mics muted until I get done with the markup. If you have any questions, please just ask in the chat. You see what I'm saying? And we're gonna I'm gonna get that shit answered for you guys. All right. With that being said, let me go ahead and get this motherfucking goddamn markup started, and I'll allow y'all to unmute y'all mics once we get done with the shit. You know what I mean? Give me like 30 minutes to run a play. All right. You get closer to my goddamn shit. All right, let's do it. Okay. My apologies for this goddamn the little notification sound keep going off, which I don't know how to turn that shit off for now. You know what I mean? So my apologies. Let me see if I can turn the bitch off one more time. A lot of notifications coming up. Everybody keep putting this goddamn Zoom call, but I can't really do nothing about that right now. Y'all just deal with me for the one time, man. Deal with me for the one time. All right, let's go monthly. Okay, you already know we start off everything higher time frame. As a matter of fact, I got one more question before we get started. One more question, just real quick. Who came to any of the events? Atlanta or Houston event? Can I get a one in chat if you came to any of the events? If you see me in person, if you like the person? Ones. Can I get a little bit of feedback, please, in the chat real quick? Was this just green bean? Was them shits green bean? Was they lit as hell? Like 1 out of 10 experience? 1 out of 10 experience. Real quick. I'm just curious. For those asking when we're going on tour in September, y'all. So we're doing Atlanta twice again. We're hitting Atlanta first in September. Again, this is more of a Genesis thing. It's called Traders Unite. So goddamn, it's not gonna be just me. It's not gonna be strictly my event like how it was this week. It's gonna be more of a Genesis thing. All the top traders in Genesis, me, Legendary Snipe, goddamn, a few more motherfuckers. I'm gonna keep it surprise type shit. You know what I'm saying? But we are going on tour in September. We hitting Atlanta twice. We starting that off on the 5th and the 6th, I believe, or the 4th and the 5th. If I can't remember. That was one of those goddamn days. 4th and 5th, or 5th and 6th. 2-day boot camp in Atlanta. Free as hell, obviously. Then we go. I can't remember exactly where we go to next, but I know all the cities we hit in September, not by order. Atlanta twice, Texas, Orlando, North Carolina twice, New York. That's where we're hitting in September. You know what I'm saying? October, we're hitting Miami. And a few other places, Colombia, Bali, all types of crazy ass shit. You know what I mean? But September is the month we're really gonna be traveling through this motherfucker, and we're about to start really seeing. You know what I'm saying? What cities fucking with us and what not. You know what I mean? Because towards the end of the year, going into 2027, Oh, we're really, really, really going on tour, gang. Like I'm talking about like nationwide, nigga. So be ready. You know what I'm saying? But anybody that's got them close to these got them cities I just named, be ready in September. I'm coming to you. I'm coming right to you. All right. Before I go, let's get you started. All right. Shout out to everybody that came to the events too. I'm just curious to see how many people from this community came to any of those events, bro. Because them shits was flooded, especially Atlanta event, bro. There was like 600 people. That bitch, that shit was crazy. But fuck all that. All right, let's get started. All right, bet. All right, boom. Monthly. All right, y'all know it's two things. We abide by liquidity gaps. All right, so I'm looking at this monthly time frame. First thing I peep off the monthly is this low right here. I'm gonna mute this. Maybe this helps. If I just mute my shit real quick. That shit is annoying as hell. I ain't gonna lie. All right, and if y'all just let me know if y'all hear that shit any moving forward. You know what I'm saying? Y'all just let me know if y'all can hear that shit moving forward. Y'all can't see my chart. Hold on now. Can y'all see my screen? Can I see my screen? Can I get ones in the chat? Ones. Can y'all see the screen? Do y'all hear any more of that bullshit? Y'all hear any more dings? Y'all hear any more dings? Nah. Yay, nay. No dings. Yes, dings. Yes. God damn. All right. I'm the only one that can't hear that shit. My apologies, y'all. I'm just trying to get shit situated so y'all can be good. I might have to deal with it for now, though. I ain't gonna lie. Y'all might have to deal with it for now. I don't want to spend too much time while we on live doing that shit, bro. So one of y'all have to deal with it. I'll figure it out later. All right, monthly. First thing I peep right here on this goddamn monthly time frame. First thing I peep right here. Y'all see the swing low right here. All right. Liquidity sweep. All right. Very, very simple. Go right below the previous goddamn low. Click the clock on the bottom right and hit do not disturb. What clock on the bottom right? Hold on. Somebody might have just cooked something. Hold on real quick. Somebody might have just cooked. Nah, because nigga, my shit's still on. That shit on right now. And that shit's still making noise. Fuck it. Y'all gonna have to deal with it. I'm done with that. All right, bet. Y'all see a swing low right here? Boom, liquidity sweep. All right, so we go right below the previous swing low, run that motherfucker. And as you can see where we at now, this bitch is heavily expanding from that liquidity sweep. All right, so that's the first thing that I identify from this goddamn chart. All right. The second thing that I identify, which is one of the more important things, and I'm peeping here, all right, is y'all see this bearish fair value gap that rests right here? All right. You see, we're well on top of that bearish gap, well on top of that motherfucker. So what does that let me know from a higher time frame perspective? All this bearishness that we had going on for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, reversing right back up. Quit drawing on my screen, Tavares. But that's the first thing that I peep off this monthly time frame is the fact that we just ran stops, right? Just got below a previous swing low, and then we broke structure bullish from this monthly time frame perspective. So that's that higher time frame 3-step sequence I be teaching you guys. Run on stops, break a structure, and then we got the gap, and this candlestick closes in 5 days. So when September gets here, you see what I'm saying? We'll know what to be potentially looking for if and when she ever pulls back. You know what I mean? Come back and get this inversion, and we might start seeing something. You know what I'm saying? But the question now becomes, if this bitch is bullish, what the fuck is she aiming for? What is gonna be our targets for the week? You know what I'm saying? We can start looking at the highs to the left, like the monthly highs right here and all that good shit, but we'll get a little bit more information once we zoom all the way in. You know what I'm saying? To join and leave our channels, I go to your account via the Zoom web or click settings. Y'all niggas is really cooking for me to get this shit off this goddamn shit. Get the sound off. Hold on. Y'all niggas is really cooking, bro. Average time, basically. Sound. Talking to sound over here. Someone's on. Mid-me participants. Hold on real quick. Participants. There we go. Bow. All right. Thank y'all. Y'all shouldn't hear it no more. Thank you. It was a real simple fix, too. I just couldn't find that bitch. We should be good now, though. All right, bet. All right. Yeah, now y'all let me know moving forward if y'all can hear that ding or not. You know what I mean? But boom. All right. So, run on stops right here. Low ran. All right. And then we get price breaking structure bullish by closing on top of this bearish gap. Y'all all with me so far? Y'all was hearing what I was saying with all them dings. Give me get a one in chat if this makes sense right here. Y'all can make sure y'all was hearing what I was saying with all them dings, nigga. One on stops higher time frame, breaking structure bullish higher time frame. We all on the same page here. Okay, then, for sure. Bet. Now, that's all we get from this monthly. It's coming down to a weekly, okay? Weekly time frame, all right? You see how heavily this bitch is expanded? Y'all know when it comes to gold, when this bitch trends, she trends. And she trends heavily. You see what I'm saying? Which is why I'm always looking for a little, you know what I mean? Like, I know I can look at the key areas that we identify below price. For example, if I look at the monthly gap we identified right here, brings this bitch down, and we're on a weekly now, what lines up with it? There's a weekly fair value gap that's right here, right? That lines up right where the monthly's at. So now all I'm gonna do is refine this box from the monthly joint to the weekly joint. Because when price action aligns on multiple time frames, it's telling you to pay attention to one area. Okay. Boom. All right. But once again, gold trends very fucking hard with minimal pullbacks. You know what I'm saying? So I'm not even gonna sit here and wait and pray that this bitch brings his ass all the way back down here. I know that whenever she's ready to go bearish, I know potential areas we can aim for before the next bullish continuation. But as you guys can see, nigga, this FVG was printed like 3 weeks ago, nigga, and we ain't even think about pulling back not enough bit. You know what I'm saying? So I'm a nigga that's gonna keep following this motherfucker until she got them give signs she wants to pull back. And whenever she pulls back, that's when I'll start aiming for specific things. You dig what I'm saying? But as you guys can see, once again, this bitch is on bullish type time. You know what I mean? So how can we got them, you feel me, get in where we fit in type shit? Couple more things I want to identify right here on this goddamn monthly. Weekly. I want you guys to really peep how wicks do the damage and bodies tell the story, right? The second we get the closing on top of swing highs, the bitch expands. The second we get the closing on top of swing highs, the bitch expands. Swing high, close on top, she expands. Swing high. The previous week she rejected. As a result, we seen a pullback. The next week we expanded. Now look where we at up here. And the same thing goes for this high that's right here. See how we're well on top of this motherfucker. And last week we closed above. So y'all know wicks do the damage and bodies tell the story. The fact that price continues to close on top of old swing highs. And then if we look at the daily, any bearish gap that you see on this bitch has gotten violated. All right. All the bearish gaps. Bearish gap right here. Close on top. Bearish gap, what the BPR, I mean the fucking volume balance was right here. Inversion. Closed on top. You see what I'm saying? Y'all getting the point I'm trying to see, even all the way up chill. Bearish BPR. Multiple gaps sat in the same area. Stretch it out. Closed on top. What is that telling me right now? This bitch about bullish in the hole. You see what I'm saying? So we need to get in where we fit in type shit. All right. Now, the question is where? All right, let me got them. This is a BPR. I just wanted to look at something real quick to see where she stopped at. All right, so y'all see I was looking at this BPR right here? And we did close well on top of that bit. So I am seeing what this pullback, because we got a daily bearish CRT going on for all my students and all my niggas. They got my course and shit. Don't know what CRT is. Don't ask me. Get the course or Google it. But for everybody that know, you know. Y'all see that right there. And that's why we're getting a pullback today. You see what I'm saying? What I'm curious about, because I want y'all to pay attention to what I'm looking at. This right here, once again, is the BPR. This box right here. Y'all see the multiple gap stack. But if I don't pay attention to that BPR real quick, because y'all see this bearish gap is right here, right? If I just pay attention to only the inversion alone, that bullish gap, it just draws this bitch all the way uphill. You see how we haven't closed on top of that? You see what I'm saying? So we close on top of the BPR, but that original gap we still ain't close on top of yet. And that right there, it catches my eye. That catches my eye. You see what I'm saying? So the question is, where the fuck can we be buyers at if we're looking for buys? All right. I like this little FVG that's right here. I do. If and when she comes back. All right. I like this little daily gap that's right here below price. See if we can come like tap that real quick and then get a continuation to that upside. Is if I come down to the 4, let's see if we can zoom in and try to like refine shit. And I want to start like deleting boxes so that niggas don't get confused. So I'm gonna delete this. All right. This right here is our daily gap. All right. And remember that we're retesting the inversion right now. Okay. This bitch is definitely gonna keep flying, bro. Because come on, man, look at the highs that we stopping short of and shit, bro. She's definitely finna keep giving it up to the upside. You know what I mean? I don't think she gonna goddamn stop right here and get the selling all the way back down without coming to run these equal ass highs are sitting right here and coming to get the rest of that fair value that's on top of it right there. That we stopped short of 50% of, by the way. inducement at its finest. So we're coming to get this area here. That's my next target for price. The question is, nigga, once again, where can we get in at? This bitch has been so bullish that even though I want that pullback all the way to fuck down here, who knows if we gonna get it, nigga? Because gold just likes to fucking fly. So I'm 2 areas with price right now. I'm kind of in the area right now where I need price to kind of let me know what type of time she's on. You know what I'm saying? Because I actually like the area that she's sitting at now. I like the pullback she just did. I like this pullback right here. You know what I'm saying? Why do I like this pullback? Right on stops. Then the breaking structure to the upside. Now we come back to retest the gaps and shit. You know what I'm saying? Come back to get inversions and running more stops and shit like that. Come back to the exact same gap. All I need her to do is pierce this little low right here that she created. Y'all see this little low where my mouse is at? This low right here. I would just want her to pierce that bitch right there. And then I'll start hunting by. You know what I'm saying? But it's 2K scenarios for price right here, if you ask me. All right. Considering the fact it's a daily bearish CRT going on, that's the only reason why I'm a little hesitant on calling the buy once she goddamn runs these lows. I really got to see what the fuck she talking about. You know what I'm saying? I really got to look for the confirmation. So it's 2 things I see in price, 2K scenarios. Either way it go, to me, excuse me, this bitch flies. Either way it goes, it's all about where she want to bottom out at. All right. So once again, 2K scenarios, bro. A, these lows right here that she just created right here. She gives one more sell at to go run them bitches, gets deeper down inside this gap, which is coming down to a lower time frame. All right. These swing lows right here, run them bitches. I know there's a little gap below here she stopped short of somewhere. Got to be. If not, then I don't know. Not really. It's little bitch ass, baby ass gaps, but it's nothing too significant. Either way it goes, once again, let me identify the shit one more time. Move this right here. 2K scenarios. A, come down this bitch, run this motherfucking low, and then she breaks structure bullish and we start hunting the buys off to run on stops, breaking structure gap. B, daily CRT completes itself. This bearish CRT that's happening now, that bitch completes itself. She said she uses that CRT that's happening now to run down and go get that daily FVG, and then the same fucking thing. You know what I'm saying? That's what I'm looking for this week when it comes to price action. Until she gets these highs up here, gang. The highs that we had just identified. We come back to the higher. And remember these highs right here that we were just talking about? Here, with that gap that stopped short of 50 right on top of that bitch. Let me zoom in so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Y'all see this 4-hour fair value gap that's right here. Y'all see this swing high that's right here that stopped short of that 50, and we still never came back to get 50 yet. So what I'm saying is this analysis I just gave you guys, either case scenario, as far as her running this first low and then spazzing, or getting all the way down there and then spazzing, now she should be valid until we reach there. That's the target. And obviously from there, we're going to sit on our hands. She closes on top of that gap. We'll look for more buys to keep pushing, nigga. She respect the gap. We'll look for sales, point blank period. You know what I mean? But it's 2K scenarios, nigga, will. All right. I changed the color from one of them bitches. Once again, A, run this 5-minute equal lows right here and then break structure bullish and let's get it. Or B, get all the way down to that daily FVG and then break structure bullish and let's get it. Now, Tracy, how do I know when to buy? By looking for this exact piece of goddamn market structure I'm giving you. The confirmation is run on stops, break structure gap. If these right here are the stops, let her run the low and then fucking explode and then catch the pullback. That's how you know she's ready. If she does not do that verbatim, you know she's coming down there. Simple. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, I'm just being patient and waiting to see which one this bitch gonna explode from. But I don't see this bitch going too crazy on no sale, especially how goddamn explosive she's been these last 3-4 weeks. And this gap is right on top of price. I think we got to get that before goddamn anything else happens. The only way I'm wrong on this is if we violate this daily gap that I identified. We violate that bitch is the only time I start really looking for sales again. I might look for sales if this bitch show me that she don't want to goddamn break structure from here. Like if she really shows hand and she want to come down and get a daily gap, I might call some short-term sales to get down there and then ping pong go right back up. You know what I'm saying? But once again, I think y'all get the point by now. I'm dumbing it down one more time. Either A, run these lows, then get up out of there. B, get the daily FVG and then get up out of there. That's what we're looking for. Guys, just be patient, wait for price to get to either A or B. Look for that confirmation we love so goddamn much. And if she do not give the confirmation from that area, she gonna give it from that area. If she don't give it from down here, then we just wrong, period, nigga. You know what I'm saying? But we know that lower time frame run on stops, breaker structure, and gap is the confirmation. So if we see that bitch from down here, we're gonna pop it. If we see that bitch from downhill, we're gonna pop it. I think I get the point. All right, ones and chatter shit makes sense. You understand what I'm looking for, why I'm looking for it. Ones. Do you understand the patience that I got here? Do you understand? I give myself 2 case scenarios. And all right, bitch, come to me, and I'm gonna see what you do. Always 2 case scenarios. There's always a yin to the yang, my nigga. There's always a yin to the yang. I love saying that. There's always a yin to the yang. Yin on, you know what I mean? What does that mean when I say there's always a yin to the yang? Bitch, I can always be right, and there's a chance I can be wrong. You know what I mean? There's a right case scenario and a wrong case scenario. I ain't gonna lie. If I just, this bitch actually ran this slow. I ain't peeped that until just now when I really zoomed in on this up. She actually ran that bitch. Shit. That bitch actually ran. Let me make sure I'm not tripping. She ran that bitch, boy. She ran that bitch, boy. I might call some buys right here, right now. On my mom, I just gotta make sure my goddamn line isn't lined up. I call it by right now, nigga. Oh God, I will. I'm talking about right now too. I think somebody in my signal chat already called that bitch in the goddamn free signal chat. I think somebody already called that motherfucker. That won't me though. My crosshair on this motherfucker. Nah, she ain't run that bitch. All right, she ain't run that bitch. Nah, all right, nah, we chilling. If she would have ran that bitch, y'all see how I got excited though? Because this is what I'd be liking to see. Like, see how she runs. She didn't run a low, but imagine she did. You see how that instant reaction and the break back up? That's what you want to see from like liquidity sweep, so you know that the move valid. But now that I'm really looking in, I said she ain't running low, so that's a false move. I ain't going. That's a false move. I ain't going. Oh God, not going. All right, not going. Bet. All right, bet. That's the gold analysis. I'm just being patient. I know somebody else called the buy. That shit could be valid too, but I like my strategy, which is I want to see that low get ran. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna chill. I'm going to chill. All right. But keep going. All right, so that's the analysis on gold. Let's go NASDAQ on a motherfucking now. All right, NASDAQ. And once again, if y'all have any questions on these markups as I'm going through here, make sure y'all drop that bitch in the chat. All right, we go NASDAQ. I knew this pullback was eventually going to come. You see what I'm saying? But if you've been on my markups for the last few weeks, you already know what I've been goddamn looking for when it comes to goddamn NASDAQ. You know what I'm saying? We knew that this pullback was eventually going to come. And we knew that when this pullback did happen, what we going to look to do? In the chat, what I say we was going to do once this pullback happened, this motherfucker. What I say we was going to do on this motherfucker once she eventually pulls back. If you don't know, then you need to come and watch these goddamn calls, nigga, because it's not one time where I'm wrong. And that's me humbly speaking. The higher time frame markups are never, ever, ever wrong. Come to this live tab, watch everything we done said for the last few weeks, and you'll notice exactly what I'm saying is valid. We knew this bitch was overly bullish. You know what I mean? And we knew how high this bitch was going. So that's why we kept looking for short-term goddamn buys. We identified all these goddamn gaps. We identified the gap here. We identified this volume imbalance, which I was really paying attention to, this volume imbalance right down here. And we said that, and for when this bitch pulls back, we immediately start looking for buys back to the upside. Immediately. You see what I'm saying? So that's where we at with NASDAQ. Now, the problem is she ain't low enough based on what I want to see. You see what I'm saying? I don't think she's low enough for us to start hunting those buys just yet. You see what I'm saying? I think she got a little bit more sell leg in her. I at least got to see this BPR get hit. At least. I really want down here to get hit. That volume balance. That's what I would really love to see hit before I really start looking for those next swing buys. But similar to goddamn gold, this bitch trends heavily hard, very, very hard, to the point where she might not even need to come get this. But I'm telling myself she at least got to get this. You saw this inversion that's right here? That inversion that's right here? And the gap that's right below it, like she at least got to grab that. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm coming at, because the deeper the pullback, the better. You can't just stop at one gap and leave 2 below price. So you got to at least get 2 out of 3. That's where I'm at with it. You dig what I'm saying? So with that being said, I think she got a little bit more sell in it. Just one more little goddamn heme. Just one more. You know what I mean? And then from there we expand. That's what I'm looking for. I'm overly bullish on that. You know what I'm saying? I think that the next pullback that she's doing now, no matter where she bottoms out at, she left the equal highs on purpose. And then obviously we got all the new equal highs at new all-time highs. I think that next pullback could definitely send this bitch up. You see what I'm saying? We look at the monthly to make sure niggas ain't missing nothing. And then we got monthly bullish CRT. You see how that monthly bullish CRT went amazing this month. Everybody don't know what that CRT is. Once again, you better get that course, nigga, because you can see how two candlesticks is gonna tell you what the third one did. And if you didn't, once again, if you think we capping on how much we knew what this shit was gonna do, go back to these goddamn live streams. We knew that this whole goddamn buy was gonna happen based on what we seen at the beginning of the month. Yeah, I mean, and she heavily expanded, but she's leaving that last TP on the table, which is why I know she's gonna keep the shit pushing. You know what I'm saying? This is she gotta wait for the pullback to be over. Now, we look at this weekly time frame, which is the first. This is the first time me looking at the weekly, which I don't know why, bitch. I should have started off at the monthly and then the weekly, but we start off at the daily, and now I'm at the weekly. And I'm glad that I looked at the weekly without going any lower because what's the first thing y'all peeped when I drew up this box on the weekly right here? What's the first thing y'all peeped? What's the first thing y'all peeped when I just drew up this box right here? We at the 50. We at the 50, correct. Now, I would not have seen that shit if I went daily down. Learn from that little mistake and understand that higher time frame rules all. Can y'all learn from that? Can y'all understand that I would not have seen that shit if I did not zoom out? Can I get ones in the chat if that makes sense? Higher time frame rules all. Understood, ones. I would not have seen that if I did not zoom out. Y'all wonder why I always saw that monthly. That's why. So now that I see that, now I'm gonna zoom in and kind of start shit over. You know what I'm saying? And kind of see what this bitch talking about. Higher time for the new trap, now no rap cap. All right. So what I'm gonna do right here real quick is just identify this white line, that 50 watt. And I'm gonna cut down to the goddamn motherfucking daily with it and then kind of drag some information from the shit. Boom. I'm just identify this real fast. I'm gonna delete this box because we're gonna draw some more boxes on the lower time frame. I just want to know that that's that 50 watt. But matter of fact, just so nobody gets confused, bitch, I'm gonna put this shit right in the middle for a fort, nigga. So can't none of y'all niggas get confused on nothing. 50%, nigga. For all my beginner traders, nigga, that's how you need to be. And you ever heard of annotating your charts, nigga? That's what you gotta be doing, bro. You know what I'm saying? That's how you gotta be doing. To make it even more specific, nigga. This is how you be knowing where you at when you got. This is how I had to start doing shit. This is how I had to start doing shit when I first got started. And a nigga was teaching me all these motherfucking terms, FVGs, liquidity, and he's telling me to go from each and every time frame. Now I gotta identify. I gotta remember where the fuck I'm at. Sometimes you gotta annotate some shit, nigga. Annotate some shit. You know, nothing wrong with it. Nothing wrong with it. All right. But now I come down to that daily, right? And now I can see why I'm getting a little bit of rejection from right here, right? You see what the last 3 days been doing? Once again, brother, higher time frame is so fucking crucial. It's so crucial. And if I look at where we at, if I refine down areas, because when I'm looking at that higher time frame key area and I zoom in, I'm trying to see if there's any areas on a lower that line up with that higher. Let me make this shit make sense for you. This right here is that weekly FVG. I'm on a daily. I'm trying to see if there's anything that lines up with that 50. Of course, there is the BPR right here. Y'all see what I'm saying? It's right at the 50. So it gives more correlation for this right here. But y'all know my goddamn confirmation when it comes to entering buy sales. Can y'all drop that shit in the chat for me, please? What is my 3-step sequence to entering trades? What's my 3-step sequence to entering trades, man? Run, BOS gap. All right, for sure. Let's come down to a 4-hour. Let's come down to a 2-hour. Let's come down to a 1-hour. Fuck, we're gonna say I started at 1. Okay. Do we look like we have that picture perfect sequence? You know what I mean? And granted, once again, it already kind of happened here, but we're late for that. So look at what's happening now. And the fact that we did not overly lead from this shit, like that's why I want you to break, before I even ask you this question, break it down in sequential order. Because I already know a couple of y'all gonna be like, yeah, it already happened. Listen to me real quick. All right. She came down to this goddamn gap, right? And she run on stops. Then she did this little bitch ass little break up right here. You know what I'm saying? If this bitch wanted to leave, she would have left by now. She would have left by now. She left all the highs for a goddamn reason. Now we're right back in the same motherfucking gap. We're right back in the same gap. You see what I'm saying? So now I want you to look at more current price action. Look at where she's at right the fuck now. Don't disregard what happens to the left because that move is kind of already over with, if you ask me. You see what I'm saying? Look at more or less here. After that move is done, look more here. That's a kind of look more here. And do we have a run on stops, breaking structure gap sequence bullish within what we're looking at right here? Yay and nay. Yay and nay. do we have this kind of market structure? It's not enough. It's 500 people on this call. Not enough of y'all niggas answering this question, which means that some of y'all niggas confused. Do I see run on stops, breaker structure, and is there a fair value gap? Is there this sequence happening right here, right now? Did this happen yet? Yay or nay? For buys, not for sales either. For buys. Because remember, we're looking for buys right now. You understand? No. All right. It did not happen for buys yet. We are bullish on our analysis. You understand? No, it did not happen for buys yet. Y'all are looking more like at this high getting ran or whatever the case may be. Or once again, y'all looking over here to the left, which I told y'all not to look at. You know what I'm saying? Because that move is kind of over with once again. So if you're referring to something like this, yes, you're right, but we're not looking at buys. So that's not what we're looking at. If you're looking at this, I told you, nigga, don't look at that. You see what I'm saying? We're looking at this piece of market structure right here. If you're looking at this, once again, we're bullish. So I'm disregarding sales. You see what I'm saying? I have discernment on what side of the market I'm paying attention to. Now, what does shit like this look like? I'm glad y'all see it, all right? For anybody that's seen like the bearish side of things, I'm glad y'all see it because what does this kind of show? That she's not ready to buy yet, right? Because we understand that if she would closing on top of highs and all that good shit, just confirms the bullshit. She's not closing on top of highs. She's hitting highs and reversing. What does that let me know? It's not ready to buy it. You know what I'm saying? So it's good we identify it. You know what I'm saying? But at the same time, remember, if we're bullish, we have discernment on what side of the market we pay attention to. If I'm bullish, I don't care about a bearish liquidity sweeping and breakdown. I'm not catching that trade. You understand? That could end up being false. How many times you took my strategy, run on stops, break a structure gap, and then was completely fucking wrong? I'm talking about you hit one of these, you bought that bitch, and that bitch went like that in your ass. How many times did that happen to you? You know what I'm saying? That shit happens a lot, bro. That shit happens a lot because the higher time frame analysis rules all. You know what I'm saying? So, and if the higher time frame is telling me that we're low key bullish, we're just waiting on the pullback to be finished before we got them run that play. Then I need to be looking for these type of plays and not the opposite side. Does that make sense? Can I get twos in the chat? That makes sense. She's obviously still creating lower lows, right? She's still got them coming lower. You know what I'm saying? We're expecting for this bitch to give her a reversal. So with that being said, we let this bitch continue selling. You know what I'm saying? We let this bitch continue selling. If y'all want to catch sales, once again, that's completely on y'all. I'm a patience nigga. The higher time frame gonna tell me to buy. Now I'm gonna just wait for this bitch to bottom out. I'm waiting for this bitch to bottom out. And I already know based on higher time frame key areas where she should bottom out at. Now I just need to see the lower time frame get to those goddamn key areas and then liquidity sweep from it. You know what I'm saying? That's all I need to see. So I'm knowing based on what this market structure right here is telling me that this bitch ain't ready to buy it. You see what I'm saying? This bitch is not ready to buy it. I would look for a liquidity sweep before I start looking, especially in this daily inversion and in this 50-50, in this higher time frame 50%. Remember, this right here is a weekly 50% FVG as well. You know what I'm saying? This is a higher time frame key area that we're looking at. If I'm going to look for a buy from this area, I need to see price, verbatim, liquidity sweep, and then break structure bullish. So if this is what I'm going to be paying attention to for my buys, right, then I'm going to identify liquidity within this area, wait for price to get there, and see the bitch going reverse. Now you see how close she is to this low right here. I'm gonna delete the box as a matter of fact. Fuck it. We're gonna just pay attention to this lower time frame. And then I'm gonna come back to the higher. Remember this right here, this green line down here is that weekly 50%. Remember that. All right. So if I want to see a play, I want to see something similar to this. See how she comes down to this 50%, she runs, stops, then turns the fuck around, leaves that gap, then expands. That's exactly what we're looking for. But again, if she's going to blast off from this area, you understand? We're looking for this exact same play. Okay. So let this bitch come down and run the nearest swing low or whatever the fuck she wants to run. All right. She's close to this low right the fuck here. I'll let her go down and smack that bitch. And it looks like there's a gap below it too. It's a couple inversions down here type shit. Either way it goes, you see how clean these lows is? If price is trying to liquidity sweep something, that's some shit she'll be looking for right there. I'll look to see if she want to run those lows and then reverse. If she don't run those lows and then reverse, I can identify this low right here and be like, all right, bitch, if you're really trying to liquidity sweep, wait until you get down to one of these lows. Wait until this bitch hits this bitch either here And then break structure bullish, we catch the pullback, or down there, break structure bullish and pull back. If that does not happen from either one of these lows inside of this first daily gap that we sitting in, let's bring our attention back to here one more time. If that does not happen inside of this higher time frame key area that we're sitting in, that means that she is not done selling. She's going to come a little bit lower. And this is where we start drawing our attention to these other gaps identified down here and that balance down there. So if I do not see that liquidity sweep and that break of structure from here, that means she ain't ready to go yet. And we just be a little bit more patient. You understand? But considering where we at from the higher time frame perspective, considering that weekly FVG, the daily BPR that aligns with that, this is a daily breaker block as well. For everybody to know what breaker blocks is, it's a lot of confirmation that's letting us know that she could go from here. So if I want to see her go from here, once again, what I just said on that lower time frame stance, liquidity sweep off of one of these lows, and then break structure goddamn bullish. If that does not happen, then just let that bitch drop the fuck off, and then I'm gonna look for buys down there. Simple. You know what I mean? So once again, let me see if I can dumb all this shit down one more again. Liquidity sweep, nigga. Look at these lows, look at price to get down to these lows, and see if this bitch expands from one of these lows. If that happens, catch a buy. That don't happen, sit on hands, and then we look for it down there. Does this make sense, everybody? Give me trees. Give me trees in the chat. Trees in the chat. Trees in the chat. In the chat. Yeah. In the chat. Trees in the chat. Everybody throwing trees in that bitch for real. Oh, God. Tree, yeah. Glad. All right, bet. That's the place. Somebody said gold flying. That bitch is flying. That's a good bar right there. Who is anybody in the bar? I told y'all I'm not in it. But shout out the gang that called that bitch. Y'all don't ask me who called that bitch either, because I don't fucking know. I know who's in the signal chat, but I can't see who called the signal, just like y'all can't see it. You know what I mean? I know when I call mine, though, so don't ask me who called it. Is anybody in this bottle? Did anybody from my free signal chat pop that bitch? Because if so, you should definitely be in profit. Shout out to whoever called that bitch. We got a team full of dogs in there. Team full of dogs, you hear me? On my soul. We got a team full of slap dogs in this free signal chat. I mean, I'm gonna go over that shit once we get done with this markup. When you call yours, can you put your tag on it? Yeah, I used to, but sometimes that shit be taking me too long to type my name out. I'll be trying to get y'all up in that bitch ASAP. You know, yeah, I'll be trying to get y'all up in that bitch ASAP. And to be honest, nigga, just take all the fucking trades. Like, I know y'all in here for me and shit, but gang, that accuracy in that chat is amazing. Who's in this free signals chat, bro? If you're in my free signals chat, drop how much money you done made with me so far. Being in my free signals chat. How much money have you made with me so goddamn far being in my free signal chat? 18,000, 60,000, 10,000, 700 plus, 1,000, 5K, 3K, 1,600, 3 to 4K, 800, 17,000, 5K in 2 days, 15,000. Are y'all understand what I'm telling y'all? Don't worry about who calling the trade and call the trade. If they with me in my goddamn chat, that means that they got my motherfucking stamp of approval, nigga. You understand? Pop the motherfucking trades and stop goddamn playing in this bitch. It don't matter who calling the trades. Take them. You know what I'm saying? These niggas is popping every single trade in that goddamn chat. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Just pop trades. I shouldn't put my tag on it, nigga. Now you should know. You should. And if y'all really look, I'll put my tag on. I'm just really talking shit. But you should really know what my signal is if you really pay attention to what the fuck I do. I hope y'all not just going to these goddamn charts. Drop a 2 in the chat and be very honest with me. Don't fucking lie to me. On God, don't lie to me. Drop a 2 in the chat. If somebody said they up 2,000 right now, I like that. Drop a 2 in the chat if when you pop a goddamn trade that's called, you actually look at the motherfucking chart. Don't lie to me neither. On God, don't like it. Don't lie to me. Or you just pop the trade. Or you just pop the goddamn trade. And don't say duh, because you'll be surprised. Don't say duh, because you'll be very goddamn surprised. It's 500 people on this call. Do you see how many people dropping twos? Do you understand? Sometimes nigga just pop the fucking trade because you want to make the pay. You know what I'm saying? Point blank got them period. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, if you're really paying attention to, if you're really looking at the goddamn chart when you pop that trade, and you know that my strategy is run on stops, break structure gap, every single time you see me pop a trade, you go look at that chart and I say buy or sell, that bitch gonna look just like this for a buy, or it's gonna look just like this for a sell. Just like every time. Yeah, I'm not switching up nothing. So if you're looking at the charts, you'll know what signal is mine. You'll also know what signal is mine based on how I fucking type it. Because bitch, you know I be talking shit. Don't nobody else be talking shit like me. So I come in that bitch and be like, "Come up that dog shit, bitch." No, God, you know exactly what the fuck it is. Home gang. You know exactly what it is. Everybody else be scared to talk like that, bitch. I be lit. I be lit. And for everybody keep saying, yeah, nigga, I'm trying to get in the chat, nigga. I sent my yeah. Yeah, I mean, I got you, brother. I got you. You'll be in the chat tonight, my good brother. Man, I've been on the road for a week, man, getting everybody in that bitch for goddamn for free with these free events, my nigga. You know what I'm saying? Everybody will be in the chat tonight. You know what I'm saying? That's my word. You call students in VIP on Discord, yes. But this is a question I've been getting a lot too. Let me go ahead and clear up the L for anybody that's in fucking the Discords and be asking me where the fuck are all these signals that. Once again, nigga, there is multiple signal callers in that fucking in the Telegram chat. It's not just me. So when you see other signals getting called in the Telegram chat and be like, where they at in the Discord, nigga, them not my trades. Them other niggas trades. You know what I'm saying? So once again, if you want access to that Telegram as well as the Discord, nigga, just fucking put your money in Genesis. Because once again, this chat's strictly for Genesis. It's a Genesis traders fucking signal chat, and all of us fucking make dog shit. So in the times where y'all see me posting on my story and be like, "Oh, we called this shit in a signal chat," but it wasn't called in the Discord, it's because I didn't call that trade. Any trade that I call gets dropped everywhere. But I don't steal nigga signals. You understand that, right? I'm not that type of nigga. You know what I'm saying? I could do that, and y'all can have 5 minutes in the chat, but I don't do that. You know what I'm saying? I can just copy and paste them bitches and send them bitches everywhere. But no, that's not what we do. You know what I mean? So that's to clear up the confusion for anybody that's in the Discord and be like, where the fuck are these signals at? If you want that shit too, fund up with Genesis under my link and I'll let you in the chat. You know what I mean? But the Discord and that's kind of two different things. So I hope that cleared up any motherfucking confusion for anybody that was got them looking crazy in this bitch. All right. Besides that, let me finish this motherfucking markup. We got one more chart to look at, and then I'll let y'all mute y'all mics and shit. We can chop it up. Gold is flying right now. I shit. That's a good motherfucking buy for anybody that popped that bitch. Boy, who's up? How much y'all up for anybody that popped that bitch? Anybody that popped that gold buy, how much y'all up right now? 200, 1,200, 3,000, 3,000, 300, 1,200, 5,000. Y'all want to see and watch this too. Watch this too. I'm gonna show y'all niggas how much money niggas be making for everybody that's not in this free signal chat. Watch this. And then I'm gonna finish up this markup. Watch this. Watch me come in here and be like, watch this. Watch how crazy my laptop gonna go with all these goddamn profits. You need to be in here. Watch this. Watch this. You need to be in here, nigga. Anywho, let's run the play. All right, let's go NASDAQ on they motherfucking ass. And here's where I'm at with gold too. Because this bitch I'm the type of nigga that's gonna get in where I fit in type shit. But as of right now, she's obviously way too far gone for me to pop a goddamn buy. And nigga, I still want these lows to get ran, to be honest. So this is where I'm at with gold. All right. If she want to keep on expanding, I'm gonna find my way in. But in order for me to get in now that I didn't get in down here, and for anybody else that didn't pop that bitch, I'm gonna need her to break structure bullish all the way at this point. Like I'm gonna need her to pretty much leave me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm fine with hitting that low and then expanding. For me to get in, she got to break structure. Clear that gap right there, and I'll look for more buy continuations if she can prove to me that she want to keep going. That's where I'm at with gold. You know what I mean? Because I don't want her to hit these gaps right here and go right back down to those lows. You understand? So that's where I'm at with gold. I missed this one personally. Once again, that wasn't my signal that I called. Shout out to anybody that did pop that bitch. Make sure y'all trade y'all stop, secure y'all profits, all that good shit. You know what I'm saying? And for me, I need to see her clear this gap right here. And if she clears that, catch pullbacks and continuations, we'll scalp it up to that gap, that high, all that good shit. That's where I'm at. All right. For anybody that's not in the buy, you know what I'm looking for to got them catch continuation. Quick ones. You know what I'm looking for to catch continuations if and when she does that. Only if she has to give me that. If she does not give me that, ain't no buys. She has to keep breaking structure. All right. If she does not keep breaking structure, them lows that we looked at, smack. That daily FVG below price we looked at, smack. All right. Exactly. Breaking structure, FVG. Correct, y'all. Correct. All right, bet. Final marker. Let's go NASDAQ on they motherfucking ass. Then we're going to look at Forex Factor, and I'm going to give y'all niggas about 10, 15 minutes to ask questions on that good shit. You know what I mean? Oh, we already did NAS. Shit. Oh, GJ, my fault. NAS Gold GJ. All right. GJ. All right. So, you know, the announcement I gave y'all niggas last week, the last couple weeks was so goddamn valid. Y'all know we caught this whole You know, I called the whole motherfucking sell off, nigga. You know, I called the whole sell off. And then remember these buy limits that I gave you guys? You know how bonkers that wick? You know that bitch all the way up here now, right? And that shit was like all the way down there, right? Yeah, I mean, wait, did y'all remember that goddamn buy limits that I gave you guys? Got them like, it was like 2 weeks ago. Anybody pop that? You know, that bitch went like absolutely bizarre. I made like 8K on that bitch. You know what I'm saying? This buy limit I gave you guys like 2 weeks ago. I can't even remember where the fuck that shit was at. 215, 941. 215, 941. 215, 941. That all right, nigga, what? Nigga, I'm such a dog. Nigga, watch. Nigga, what? Let me show y'all niggas the bottom I gave y'all niggas, man. 215, 941. Let me show y'all the precision, nigga. 215. Where that bitch at? 941. Right around here with my goddamn wick at, nigga. This pullback right up. Say I ain't call that buy for y'all niggas right here. Say I ain't call the buy for y'all niggas right here with this motherfucking goddamn shit at and put that stop below that low right there. And aim for all these goddamn highs. Easy money. Yeah, now let's break it down. Let's break it down. Let's break it down. All right. Let's break it down. Now, the reason why we knew this bitch was gonna fly overly, because the higher time frame rules are, once again, learn that if you don't know, if you're not looking at the higher time frame, you're gonna be looking at shit happen and then be like, damn, why the fuck is it happening? Meanwhile, we've been looking at buys on GJ for the last 3-4 fucking months until this bitch finally got here. Yeah, I mean, then when she got there, I told niggas, all right, she gonna sell off sooner or later. And there go that major ass fucking drop off right the fuck there she did. Now, we was looking for this bitch to get overly crazy, but we identified all the liquidity that was down there. We was like, nigga, she has to come down there and run like pretty much all these lows down here. You see the trend line liquidity? Smash that. You see what I'm saying? These lows right here, let me get that. All these lows right here, let me get that. Even that low right there, let me fucking get that. Major liquidity sweep from the higher time frame area. But then look at the goddamn crazy ass buy up that we got from that. You see what I'm saying? Fucking ridiculous. Now let me come back and look at the monthly. 1, 2. It's looking like a bearish monthly CRT popping off. You know what I mean? We got that three candlestick sequence popping off right now, and we're kind of retracing back up into the model 1, and we're tracing back into that final FVG, which is right up. You see what I'm saying? So I think it's a pretty simple analysis where we kind of just let price confirm some shit. Y'all see this fucking bearish fair value gap right here that came from that higher time frame sweep and that higher time frame breakdown. See that we have not closed on top of that motherfucker yet. We close on top of this bitch. That the bullishness continues. She might come up here. If we close on top of this gap, she's gonna come run these highs and everything in between. If she do not run these, if she stay on inside this gap and respect like how we need her respect, she'll doing some shit where she go from here, at least back down there. At least. And that's why I start hunting more sales. That's why I start hunting more goddamn sales. You see what I'm saying? So let me look at the lower time frame because y'all know my confirmation. What's my 3-step sequence one more time, fam? Please let me know. Because I think I forgot. I think I forgot what the fuck my confirmation is to enter a trade. Can somebody tell me one more time? Can somebody tell me one more time? I forgot. Where those stops breaking structure gap? Good job, y'all. All right. So I'm gonna get deleting a whole bunch of shit real quick. And we're gonna remember this box, right? This is our daily fair value gap box, right? Remember, my confirmation is always liquidity sweep and then breaking structure in the opposite direction. Okay. Sell price, engineered a whole bunch of liquidity at high in this gap. We get this goddamn sweep up here. Get that sweep right there. And then we get price eventually closing below all the gaps. You just close below. Boom. What is that right there? Letting Big S go booming though. Where are we going? Well, where are we going if we just ran stops inside of a higher time frame bearish key area and then we close below bullish structure? What is that? That's confirming what? Where are we going? You ever heard that SpongeBob song? That bitch said, "Up, man, gone somewhere." Oh my God. Oh my God. Somebody's not fucking learning. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bald head quiz. What up, boy? Hey, I ain't gonna cap, boy. That head ball in real life. Some of y'all niggas' heads not ball in real life, nigga. That nigga head ball in real life. Word on my mama. That nigga pulled up. They got the Atlanta event. Head was glistening like a hoe. Boy, I said, yeah, that ball head quit. No, gang. I said, boy, that boy crazy. Anywho, you see what's happening as a result of a liquidity sweep from a higher time frame key area and then a break of structure from the higher time frame key area. You see how aggressive that happens? The second she closes below the bullish key area, that bitch out of there. All right, so now I want to be looking for short-term sales. really long-term sales. But you know what I mean? I want to see like these lows down here get ran. These. Like all these lows down here and shit. I want to see those get ran. You know what I'm saying? And then she's about to aggressively. It looks like she aggressively running for that shit too. If this bitch can pull back prior to get hey, whoever dropped them eggs in that bed, that's exactly what that nigga head look like. That exactly what that nigga head like. That nigga cool as hell though. Hey, next pullback. If we can get a pullback up prior to her running these lows, I want to sell. I want to sell. All right. If she can't pull back up, we gotta let this bitch drop it. Is what it is. No game. But I need that bit. I think the sales is ready. You feel what I'm saying? Look how high we put it. Look at it. Look at this motherfucking fair value gap right here. Pull all the way in that motherfucker. I think this bitch ready to got them drop draws. You see what I'm saying? So if she can pull back up prior to running these lows, I'll call sales and get us in to take her down to run those lows and shit. And we can aim for, once again, the lows. I'm pretty sure there's a lower time frame gap down here that ain't get filled yet. There you go. There you go. That's just fair value gap right here. We're stopping short of that 50 watt the whole time anyway. We're stopping short of 50 the whole time anyway. That's why I know she's gonna run those motherfucking lows, nigga. All right, so once again, we can get. I'm gonna delete this big ass box here. Draw attention down to this lower time frame shit. She's inducing heavily and heavily. If I can get a pullback up prior to these lows getting ran, I will call the sell. You know what I'm saying? That we're gonna aim for these lows, get that 50%. And then obviously, if this bitch can overly break structure bearish, we're gonna start aiming for shit like this because these lows right here is clean. And she leaves shit like this on the table for a reason. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna let this bitch do what she need to goddamn do. You know what I'm saying? She's in this higher time frame bearish area. I'm not gonna touch her unless she gives me exactly what I need her to get them get. But I do think these lows right here get smacked. You feel what I'm saying? Bear the fuck minimum. Bear the fuck minimum. You know what I mean? And then we'll see what she wants to do from this goddamn lower time frame gap she ain't get yet. And if she breaks below that, then those lows are smacked. You see what I'm saying? So that's where I'm at with GJ. I want to see one more pullback up, and then we're gonna see if we can smack those lows. If she smacks the lows first and then starts to reverse, I don't want to sell no more. This is why I keep telling you guys she has to pull back up first, and then I'll sell it. If she keeps selling down, runs these lows, and then tries to pull back up, I'm good. I'm cool on her. I'm cool on her. I need the target to stay the target so it can be an easy sell. That bitch keep on dropping, get down here, and then reverse. I'm gonna really be sitting on hands and see if she can break below that, and then I'll look for more sales. You know what I'm telling y'all? It has to happen in sequential order. Pull back up first, then I sell, take it down there. All right, and then I'll use this gap right here to see what you really want to do. All right, now there's always a yin to the yang. There is something that I peeped up here that I want to identify for you guys. There's always a yin to the yang. Y'all know I said on that yin yang. Where that bitch go? There's something up here that I wanted to identify. I thought I seen that motherfucker. Where is that? That. Is this gap up here that ain't get hit yet? Let this bitch act stupid. Like she ain't done buying. Kid won't know exactly where she going to. You know what I'm saying? But considering where we at from the higher time frame perspective, I think that she can go ahead and at least give us a sale that we're looking for right now, bare minimum. At least she can at least give us that. You see what I'm saying? So with that being said, let's see if she can give us a pullback up before them lows get ran. And if so, I'll call the sale, get y'all up in that bitch. I want y'all to look for around, let me see. Let's see this 15-minute gap right here. I at least need that on. I at least need this on the pullback, at least. You know what I mean? So I'll look for around 217, 037 to get hit for a little short-term sell down. See what she want to do from there. And if she leaves that shit on the table and keeps dropping, just sit on your motherfucking hands and see if she uses this area to reverse or she closes below this. Because she closes below this, once again, sales continue. Use each key area as like a step ladder for price. She breaks below here, we go this next. Respects here, we pull back to here next. Based on liquidity and gaps, you should understand exactly what price is going to at all motherfucking times. Does that make sense? Can I get some twos in the chat, please? On what I'm looking for and why I'm looking for it. Short term and long term. What I'm looking for to confirm the sale continuations. What I'm looking for my short term sale right now. All that good shit anywhere in between. It's damn near 500 people on this call. I need them. I need them twos in this bit. Ugh. Ugh, da, 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 da. Twos. For sure that, y'all. For sure that. Bet. All right, for sure. All right, that's my 3 pairs I trade. I know I really only trade fucking gold for real, but I'll dibble dabble on a little Nas and GJ every now and then. I dibble dabble, snibble snabble on that bitch. You know what I'm saying? Y'all scared of 30 or something? No, bitch, I don't trade it. Ugly nigga. Carlito. Carlito the Don. Stupid. No, I don't say no, I don't fuck with silver no more. No, I can't organize. No, if you pass 8, you're late, nigga. If you pass 8, you're late. Hey, I'm gonna mark up y'all charts, bro. Just give me a second, bro. All right, damn. Go Forex Factor on nigga. And if you pass 8, you let all the late niggas come on the call. Did you already mark it up? Yes, I already marked it up, man. I don't trade nothing but gold. Yeah, on God, nigga. Y'all lucky I'm even goddamn marking up Nas and GJ shit. Y'all taking me off my swag. Y'all taking me off my stilo by marking up other charts. And I fuck around and forget what gold gonna do. No, so I don't fuck around and marked up 17 pairs, nigga. Now I forgot what gold gonna do to miss my goddamn move. That's why I stopped trading 5 million pairs. If you've been in CS for a long time, you know how many pairs I used to trade this time last year. You know how many pairs you trade, bitch. That's why I got so many pairs on my watch list. Nigga, we'll go through this motherfucker. Nigga, me and my gang used to go live every goddamn day, nigga, and go through these bitches just like this until I found a run on stops, breaking structure gap, and then be like, all right, we finna trade it. Like, I swear to God, nigga, we'll go right just like this every morning, nigga. I had to stop doing that shit. Because it would look good in the signal chat, but for my goddamn own accuracy, bitch, I was getting smacked. Cause I'll be so fucking, nigga. I'll be in goddamn 8 different motherfucking goddamn pairs, nigga. To the point where I'm forget, nigga. I'm only managing 3 of them bitches. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's hard. The more shit you got them trading, the more moves you gonna forget out on. Nigga, you so focused on this one, you gonna forget on this one. You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, I swear to God, bro, it's just a lot that comes with managing a lot of goddamn pairs. That's why I stopped marking up 1,000,000 pairs. Don't get what I got over here fucked up, nigga. It's because I just never deleted my watch list. You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, I stopped paying attention to all them goddamn pairs, nigga, and my accuracy went fucking insane. That's why I got to where I'm at today. You know what I'm saying? That's why the frequency on the signals went down too. I stand 10 times more on quality over quantity than what I used to stand on a year ago. I'm a nigga that used to call I got them 10, 15 trades in a day, nigga. You know what I mean? That shit that ain't my swag no more. Once again, it'll look good in the signals chat. It wouldn't look good in my P&L though. You know what I mean? Like, nigga, that's just the accuracy. That's just the honest fucking truth. But I will mark up y'all charts though. Just give me a second. Forex Factory and see what time shit popping off this week. All right. Yeah, I'm kind of late to the markup this week. I just got back from goddamn Atlanta and shit. So I appreciate y'all patience with me this week. Goddamn, but we got 3 days left of trading. Went tomorrow. We got 8:30 red folders. Whatever the fuck GDP. It's GDP. All right, that's cool. Goddamn. Whatever. All right, 8:30. We'll see what's up. We'll see what's up with this red folder at 8:30 in the morning. I'll be up seeing what type of time she on. As long as I see a setup, nigga, I'll drop a Zoom link for the VIP squad. We'll get up in that bitch. All right. Thursday, no red folders, and Friday we have that nigga Wash speaking. That nigga Wash, Chairman Wash. Oh, that shit don't even sound right rolling off the tongue no more, nigga. Where the fuck got that Powell at? No, they done got rid of Powell ass. But that shit ain't sound right rolling off the tongue no more. Talking about some goddamn Chairman Wash. I've been saying Powell since 2019, nigga. No, so that shit don't even sound right. But this is probably gonna be our big dog when it comes to price action. You see what I'm saying? I think that Chairman Wash. I think that this red folder on Friday will hold a lot more weight than the red folder on Wednesday because we already know when chairman speak, nigga, price, all that nigga gotta do is sneeze, price can go crazy. So I'm definitely gonna be looking forward to what price action does on Friday, and we will be up for that 10 a.m. But in the meantime, nigga, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday goes as follows, nigga. 8:30, let's see what these red folders talking about. Thursday, I'll be up 10 a.m. Friday, we go 10 a.m. too. All right, for these red folders right here. All right. That's how we gonna got them rock out there. We seeing what the fuck going on. You know what I mean? As long as I see these trades setups, bitch, we gonna do what we need to do. You know what I mean? We're gonna do what we need to do. All right. Yeah, that's about it for my marker. I'm gonna give y'all checkers. I'm finna give y'all a chance to unmute y'all mic in a second. You know what I'm saying? Before I do that, let me get all my announcements y'all about to ask me anyway about the fucking way. Because I'm finna get 5 minutes of these questions right here, right now. Let me do it while y'all mics are muted. And then, nigga, we can answer all the other questions later. All right? Free signal chat. This chat right here. You know what I'm saying? Free signal chat. I'm finna get, all y'all gonna ask me is how to get in this shit. Free signal chat. This chat right here. Remember how I told you guys I was gonna get these niggas to flood my goddamn shit with profits? Oh, thank you for what you're doing, family. We're out here doing God's work. You know what I mean? Like, y'all see testimonials like this. It's fucking lit. It's fucking lit. All these niggas is making pay. This nigga trade with MetaTrader. I'm finna kick his ass out the chat. Oh, there goes Genesis. Yeah. You see how everybody just making money in this motherfucker? He's up 129. This nigga's up all that good shit. This nigga's up a few $100. Just off the goal as soon as y'all just seen get called. So, and it wasn't even my signal. So making the point that goddamn, once again, we got multiple dogs in this goddamn chat. It's not just me. You feel what I'm saying? And to be honest, don't worry about who it is. Nigga, just take the goddamn check. I'm gonna get that question too. Who's in it? Who's in it? Nigga, don't worry about it, bro. You feel what I'm saying? Just know I'm in this motherfucker. And anybody that's next to me is a dog just like me. Nigga, take these goddamn trades. Don't worry about who in it. All right. But you see how many people we got in this bitch? 1,400 people, almost 1,500 people in this goddamn chat taking goddamn trades with us. You feel what I'm saying? So if you would like to get a part of the chat, all you have to do is fund up at least $300 with my broker Genesis. I'm finna drop the link in there for you guys. Whoever this nigga is right here that's got them flood in the chat, boy, quit doing that before I kick your ass off this motherfucker. Nobody got them Instagram, boy. Fire. All right. That's all y'all need to do to get access to the chat. All right. Fund up at least $300 with this link right here. I'm finna flood the chat. This link right here. Sign up, create an account, create an individual account. All right, legacy. Sign the fuck up. Fund up at least 300 with this goddamn broker link right here. All right. Send me a screenshot on Telegram when you're finished at this Telegram right here. My Telegram is TSCO1. All right. That is my Telegram. All right. Flooding that bitch in the chat. So once again, all you have to do is take that first link, deposit at least $300 with Genesis. All right. Take that Telegram right there. Send me a screenshot when you got down finished, nigga. You in up. Everybody keeps saying I sent you the screenshot. All right, my nigga. I see y'all. I ain't. As soon as I get about this call, y'all are in there. Relax. All right. This is for the people that have not sent the screenshot already. All right. This is for, once again, this chat right here. See my CS goddamn fucking free signal chat, nigga. This chat right here. I'm gonna scroll through this motherfucker so y'all can see the accuracy and see how much money niggas be making and see the frequency of trades. So this is what happened when you got multiple signal calls in this bitch. And we drop all the profits in this bitch all the goddamn time. So you gonna know niggas is making pay. So once again, this ain't no bragging, this ain't no advertising, nigga. But once again, if you want to get up in this bitch, that's all you gotta do. I'm gonna drop the goddamn Telegram link. I mean the Genesis link one more time. Take this link, fund up at least $300. All right. And send me a screenshot when you are finished on Telegram at TSCO1. All right. The next question I'm going to get is, what if I already have a Genesis goddamn account and I didn't sign up under your link? What I need you to do is send me a message on Telegram at TSCO1. Once again, I'm going to drop shit in the chat again. At TSCO1. Take this Telegram and email and send me the email that you signed up with Genesis with and say, I need to get moved under you. That's all I need you to do. All right. Send me the email that you signed up with Genesis with. All right. And put under that bitch, I need to get signed under you. If you just see me in the email by itself, nigga, I'm not gonna know what the fuck you talking about. Because I got a lot of people that I'm talking to. All I got them talking about Genesis. All right. So with that being said, make sure you be detailed on what the fuck you're doing, what the fuck you need from me, so that I don't get lost. I'm talking to a million different motherfuckers. You understand? Be very specific. Email, I need to get moved under you. All right, I will get that shit handled for y'all tonight. Okay. That's how you get the free signal chat. So we'll get over that shit one more time. $300 with Genesis chat. $300 with Genesis. Send me a screenshot when you got them finished. You're in the chat. It's that goddamn simple. Come this bitch, Kylie pays profit. Now, the next question I'm gonna got them get is how to get tapped in with all the extra shit. I'm gonna go through all the goddamn extra shit I got to offer. Once again, this isn't a motherfucking advertisement. I don't give a fuck what y'all niggas do. I just care about y'all coming to this bitch getting free money. But if you want to get tapped in with anything in between, as far as mentorship and all that good shit, this is all the prices and all that good shit. All right. The Discord, the GJ Slayers Discord, me, KJ, and Don is 150 a month. You know what I'm saying? If you want access to this, just send me the word. Got them Discord. I'll let you up in that bitch. Just like get the live trading sessions. Be able to talk to us every week. Goddamn, get on Zoom with me, Don, and KJ. We all got our different times when we drop our links. And you know what I mean? Just vibe out with the game. You know what I mean? So if you want access to this, just send me the word Discord. I'll send you the link. I have the ebook for $100. All right. Covers pretty much everything I know from beginner to advanced, from what is Forex all the way down to advanced strategies. All right. There's a book that you got to read, nigga. You know what I mean? So it's an ebook and it's $100. If you want that bitch, just send me the word ebook and you're going to send me the paper and I'm going to email it to you. All right. The two last things I have to offer is the course. All right, my course is $1,000. Video course teaches you everything you need to know from beginner to fucking advanced. Best fucking course on planet Earth, if you ask me, nigga. $1,000 gives you the sauce. You want that bitch to send me the word course. I send you the goddamn payment details. And the last thing I got to offer is the mentorship. All right. 2,000 for 1 month of mentorship, 6,000 for 6 months of mentorship, and this is what this includes. Whatever goddamn side of mentorship you get, 1 month, 6 months, you get lifetime access to the Discord for live signals and trading. So you're always gonna be tapped in with me. You know what I mean? Lifetime access to the Discord for live signals and trading. You're gonna get unlimited one-on-ones with me throughout the time that you got them signed up for. So if you sign up for 1 month of mentorship, get as many one-on-ones you can with me within a month. Just hit me the day before so I can get you a one-on-one lined up. Goddamn, and you're gonna get access to the inner circle chat where we do three calls a week, Tuesday through Thursday, doing the lessons and shit. By the time the end of the month over with, you'll know everything I know. But you also get a free copy of the course and free copy of the ebook. So pretty much everything I got, they got them offer in one goddamn package, plus lifetime access to the goddamn Discord and shit. You know what I'm saying? So that's all I got to offer. You know what I'm saying? This is what I truly care about, that free signal chat. And the last thing I'm gonna say before I let y'all unmute y'all mics is goddamn, when it comes to tapping in with me, once again, I do not care what y'all niggas do with y'all pay. I just care about y'all making pay. But if y'all niggas do want to tap in with me, you see what I'm saying? And you may not have the funds. I know 2,000's a lot. I know 1,000 a lot for the course. What I recommend you doing is just joining my free signal chat. Let me make you the pay, nigga. It's really that simple. I pride myself on not making niggas come out of pocket because I can literally just make you the money. You understand? So with that being said, if you feel as if, nigga, I ain't ready to drop that much pay, nigga, or whatever the case may be, fund up, join my free signal chat under my link. Let me make you the goddamn money. You dig what I'm saying? And then do whatever the fuck you want to do with the profits. These are facts. You know how many niggas got them? I done made 2,000. They signed up for the mentorship and I made them more. Yeah, I mean, earn while you learn system. You know what I'm saying? So whatever the fuck you want to goddamn do it. You know what I'm saying? But that's how you get tapped in with me in all different ways. All right. I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to announce for that y'all unmute y'all mics. Yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. It's pretty much it for right now. All right, give me 1 second, y'all unmute, and then goddamn, we'll chop it up before goddamn it's 10:20, we get like 10:45. We get about it. All right. All right, man. Holla at me. What's up? Holla at me.
Hey, you
I
got
just
my
want to make sure I
text
get
message.
in,
I
get
text
in the
you
VIP.
on that line you sent me.
One at a time, man. One at a time. And who said that? Niggas, 5 million niggas texting me. I gotta know who said
I'm
that.
talking about your phone number.
Nigga, I know. Who said who that? Deshaun.
Yeah.
You the nigga I was just talking to. Facts. Yeah, facts. Yeah. You're like, yeah. Where you at? God damn, my phone be going crazy. I got you.
It's a 510 number.
I got you. I just responded
Uh,
to your shit. We locked in. I'm gonna chop it up with you details once we get up off the zone.
all right.
Say that. Goddamn. Question. Yeah, talk to me. Do we have any questions? Shit. If not, then we just send this bitch a
Yeah.
vibe.
Yeah, how I pay for that?
Hey. So when it's an inverse fair value gap jump, which way you looking? The way that it inverse to?
Weighted inverse, yeah.
All right, just
Weighted
making
inverse.
sure.
This is like, for example, this is a bearish gap. If we close on top of that, I'm taking it bullish. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So
Okay,
that's
one more
bullish.
question for about the fair value gaps. So
Yeah.
if it just wicked into it, do that still count as it filled it? Or
No, she
do
gotta
a
get at least
body
50.
have to close in it or go all the way through it?
She got to get at least 50%. No matter if it's a wick or a body, she got to get at least 50% for the gap to be considered filled. At least 50%. That's why I got the white line going through my box. It's 50%. You know what I
Okay.
mean? So at least half of the gap has to get filled before it's considered filled. And price can either react off a halfway or filling it all the way. I mean, but
Bet.
50% has to get filled at least before you do anything to the gap.
Bet.
For sure. That's a good question too. Anyone else? Holla at me.
Yeah, how I pay for the Discord?
Just in the gym.
DM me the word Discord. Or hit me on Telegram with the word Discord. I'm seeing the link. No. That's the only thing that there's a link for. Anything else?
Hey,
Y'all gonna send me the pay like to me verbatim. Like you gonna send it to my Zelle and shit. That's the only thing I got a link for. It's the fucking Discord. Everything else is fuck WAP, which is the platform that we use to accept payments. The niggas
my account
hold too
funded
much
and
money from
everything
me.
already.
Huh?
My account funded and everything already. You just gotta check your Telegram.
For sure. Everybody gonna be in that bitch tonight, bro. I promise. I
Yeah, I
promise.
was about to say I funded mine
Hey
already
man,
after we
I
get to
want
the
to say
free
I
chat.
appreciate you, man. This is changing people's lives, dog.
Just look.
For sure.
Nah, that's
For
a
sure.
fact.
Appreciate y'all
Listen,
niggas, man.
Real
I'm gonna tell
shit.
you some real G shit, Esca. Right?
I make music too, dog.
I ain't
You gotta
even
check
getting
me
into
out.
the chat yet or nothing. I somehow you came across, you know how the AI do on the algorithm shit. So you
Yeah.
came across my Instagram. So you've been bringing this shit down in ways that's better understandable and you know cutting through the bullshit. So
No,
I
for
end
sure.
up following what you be doing this right here on the YouTube and going over your other videos. I've real live learned how to trade just watching your lives off the YouTube.
That's hard.
So, but I ain't
Yeah.
all the way there yet. So that's why I still need to get into the chat and to the one-on-one and all that. That's what I really want to do is do the one-on-one.
Let's do it, bro. Like I
So,
say,
but I've been learning just off you saying what you said on your lives, and then doing my little research on what is the FVG and what is the like today. I need to learn the BPR.
Yeah, I was about to ask that. What is BPR?
it's a balance. It's multiple gaps stacked in the same area. It's a
And
very
for
simple. It's a very simple concept to understand. It's a bearish gap and a bullish gap in the same fucking spot. I just gotta find
10
one.
for.
But
Okay.
nah. First of all, nigga, I appreciate it, little nigga. Like y'all niggas don't understand how I say shit every single call, and I'ma always say it, nigga. It means y'all think it means a lot to y'all that I do it for free. I think that it means a lot to me that y'all would even tap in with me in the first place, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like the fact that we even got 5, 6, 700 people on these Zoom calls every single goddamn week is still insane to me. You know what I'm saying? So I
Nah, that's
appreciate
real
y'all a
shit.
lot more, and y'all appreciate me. Cause goddamn nigga, y'all give me a reason to wake up. It's a certain thing. It's purpose in life. You know what I'm saying? It's one thing. Making money isn't a purpose in life. You know what I'm saying?
Mm-hmm.
Making money is just
Right.
not a purpose. You understand? Like it's
Right.
what the fuck you do. You know what I'm saying? It's what
With
the
it.
fuck you like. You know what I'm saying? It's how you
Yeah.
impact. You know what I'm saying?
Shit
That's
about
real.
a
That's
It's
real.
trading shit.
for sure.
Like trading shit gave me the money. You know what I'm saying? But I would not be who I am today, bro. I would not have a reason to wake up if it wasn't for y'all niggas. You understand?
Yeah,
Like I
that's real.
really, truly care
Hell yeah.
about y'all niggas, but I really do. So I
Appreciate your
appreciate
ass,
y'all a
though.
lot more.
Nah, I
You know what I'm
appreciate you,
saying? Y'all
gang.
appreciate me. No cap.
And
Nah,
God,
for
because
sure, gang.
even
Nah,
with
gang, that's real.
Joe, like once again, making money is not a passion in life. Like y'all understand what
facts.
a passion is. Y'all understand what like what God put you on earth to do type shit. We all starting to find that
That.
purpose in life.
Yeah.
That's what I mean. Purpose. I ain't mean to say passion. I mean purpose. You know what I'm saying?
Purpose.
This is
Nah,
a
that's real.
passion. This is a passion too. Don't get it fucked up because like nigga, when y'all hit me, when I get these testimonials every day, like nigga, you just made me 31,000. Nigga, that means more than me making 31,000. Because I know if I can do it for y'all, I can do it for myself times 3.
Myself.
So like nigga, you know what I'm saying? So like that means a lot more to me, gang. You know what I'm saying? But the
Yeah.
purpose comes into play where what the fuck you on this earth to do? You understand? Like, how can you got? I feel like nigga, we ain't just here to goddamn live and die. We ain't just here to goddamn work, nigga.
Work
Every single
talk.
person,
Yep.
you know what I'm saying? Every single person has a purpose in life.
Purpose.
I can
Real
really get on some
Real
real
shit.
spiritual shit, but I ain't even gonna get there. All I'm gonna
Yeah,
say
nah,
is
they're not ready for
goddamn,
that, you know.
you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna get all the way in there. All I'm gonna say is
Nah,
goddamn,
that's real shit.
there is a reason that we're on this motherfucking earth, nigga. There is. And it ain't just
Yeah.
about goddamn going to church every goddamn day and doing all, no, nigga. Every single person has a goal and a purpose on this motherfucking earth. And it's our job to figure that shit out, or else we'll be stuck on this earth. That's the
And I
only
feel
thing I'm
like
gonna say.
people like
That's the only thing I'm gonna say about goddamn spirituality. I'm a real
that.
big nigga on reincarnation. You better
Yeah, I'm
figure this
about
shit
to
the fuck
say,
out.
yeah.
So
I
I'm a
want to
real
say
big
just
nigga.
like you and KJ, like I said, I'm gonna speak for just you and KJ too. Like I said, with y'all making y'all knowing like trading should be essential for all black people because we know how shit is. It's been a hidden gem, even with the IML phase and the people who stay down with that again.
Fact.
Y'all opening a lot of doors and actually helping a lot of people. So with that again, it's like we gonna value you no matter how much we make, whether it's $1, $5, $20, 30,000. It's again like we appreciate y'all as a whole, bro. I ain't gonna cap.
No, that's a fact.
Bro.
And
For real. I
Somebody
want
got
to say too,
that's
bro. I
why I
came out
want to do
there.
the mentorship because you don't even know. Like, see, you haven't been into the DMV with one of your webinars or your trading events. Better yet, so
You ain't been to the
if I
Bay
get
either.
into the one-on-one and I really get to turning up, by the time you get the coming down right here, I'd be in the inner circle.
for sure that everybody be in the book
So,
man.
Hey, he for
Yeah.
sure got to come to the rack.
For sure. Yeah, I've been
So
trading
this
for.
walk.
Hey,
Hey,
We
I'm gonna
coming there,
keep your
Tracy,
bro.
phone on the
I
We
ain't
coming
side,
gonna
everywhere,
lie,
gang.
bro.
man.
He
I
opened
Nah, you
my
almost
definitely
quit
have to on
on
the
trading
DMV.
until you
heart.
came across my screen, gang. Like I damn near gave up on trading until I seen you and KJ pop and shit, bro. I was like, nah, I can't. Gotta keep
Can't,
going.
bro. Sound like
Then
you
you
like
had
I
the
said, that's
music
like
with it, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. That's what y'all
Facts.
like sold it too. You had the
yeah, that
music
music, bro.
popping too with it. I was like, oh yeah, bro.
Man,
Well,
the music
shit.
fire,
That's
nigga.
what draw
That's
me into
crazy.
this because I make music too, bro.
But
Hey,
and
when you
then
heard
his
Prophets
bars
tonight,
be
Scope?
So
about the
what?
shit
He
he
been
be
going
doing.
over
Like
the
Facts.
gang
music.
be
The
bar and
music
shit, like
brought me
real
to this
rap
shit
shit.
for real.
Nah,
That
no
really
cap.
Read
what
that
brought
Ain't
me
no
Prophets,
to
telling
bro.
this
We
why
can
that
shit.
make
smoke
some
fuck you in the
profits.
spirit for real.
That's
Boy,
love.
I
you
ain't
I
gonna.
appreciate all
going
that shit, no cap.
crazy.
I just
Echo,
said
Yeah,
I was
love.
on the E-way banging profits. I just got back to the crib. I was
man, drop
slamming that
that
shit on the
profit so we
interstate.
can make some profits.
Oh, y'all want to hear that project?
Hey,
Real
Big
quick, man.
Esco, can you hear
Shut
me?
that profits
Yeah,
real
drop
quick on
that
the nigga.
profits, bro.
Shut
Play
that
that
profits real
profit.
quick on
Drop that shit, man.
Yeah, that
Shut that
song
profits real
hard.
quick on the
On they
nigga
You
ass.
bitch
said
Just
so.
let
ass.
that trader talk,
Hey, you
If you
gotta hit
made
my
some
man.
money,
line.
if you made
Esco,
some money with me
Word of
this
my
week, man, this
mother.
song. If you made some money with me, man, this song right here for you, man. Let's
Nah,
turn up
play the
real quick one
video.
more
Play the
time, man.
video.
You
Nah,
said play the
fuck
video.
that.
Play
Drop
the
that
Big
video,
shit.
gang.
Esco,
I'm weak as
got
hell.
a
That
quick
nigga said
question.
play the video. If you made some money with me, this for you right here, man. Let's run
You
it real
gotta,
quick,
you
man.
gotta.
Real quick, man. Real quick. If you made some paint with me, this for you, nigga. I don't even like this music
My
video, but
dog
fuck.
Scope.
Yeah, we here, man.
Straight fire.
I use my profits to get some more profits. I'm taking out
I'm
like a
taking out
Hey,
rocket.
like a
Scope,
rocket.
check your
Hey,
phone. This walk.
The way to go
Say
make
that.
a
Say that.
deposit. Stay on the hill like a bonding. These niggas know how we rockin'. Bust down the car to my bitch, come and clock it. Bitch, I'm a trader, I know how to pop it. Ayy.
Gold
The
is at that
be
key
sniper.
area
Bitch, I'm a
where I'm
shit in
paying
it, bit like
attention
a
to if she
diaper.
gonna got
Bitch,
them
I'm a shit,
reverse or
but you
not.
don't gotta wipe
So
it.
if y'all
I
in
don't
that
think me
buy,
and you don't
this
gotta
nigga
like it.
called
Calling me
earlier.
Marcus, I
It's
feel
a
like a
good area
psychic.
like
Just take a
TP.
dick
You
on my car,
know what
get
I
a
mean? Take
sniper.
parcels of
I
that
got a
if you want to
flight in
keep
the
pushing on
morning.
that.
I'm in the air while you snoring. I told her mama get ready as soon as we land. We hopping right up in the foreign. She wanna go out the country, I send her to London. I got her ass feeling like Lauren. Taking that price, get a running. You know that I'm hunting
going
like
hard,
nigga. The
bro.
fuck is you
Music
going? I
video
got a bag
fire.
in this bitch. My pockets be fat and this bitch like a fucking Samoan. Samoan, my pockets
Lord,
be
my
fat.
pocket be
My
fat.
bitch want
Hey,
this and want that. Chauffeur, we ride in the back. The driver, he ride with a strap. We never go tit for tat. Designer, we mix and match. We sending a blitz for sets. The shit that I spit is facts. I ain't
I
gonna
ain't
tell you
gotta
I'm rich no more. You see how I'm living, I'm spending this
finish
check.
this shit.
I lost 22,000 under 6 hours, and nigga, I ain't
I
breaking
ain't
your
breaking a
sweat.
sweat.
Soon as I see a pussy get
This bitch
wet,
starting to
niggas
go up
get
on
love me and
YouTube. I
niggas
ain't
get
gonna
hate
lie.
me, but that's on my
This
mommy,
bitch
gon'
starting to
give me
go up.
respect. Niggas be treating this shit like a gamble, my nigga, this shit is not Russian roulette. Knowing to run up a cushion, so I'm sitting comfy, but I am not comfortable yet. I had a bitch try to use me for all of my money, she thought I was dumb in the head. Far from a
Man,
dummy,
dummy,
I
I
told her,
told
hey,
her.
act like a monkey and go ahead and
Go
jump in
ahead,
the
jump in the
bed. I'm
bed.
not talking about all of the moves I'm making, I'm just gonna do it instead.
Bucks was on this
Money,
bitch bar and shit, bro.
nigga,
I'm
you catch me
not
doing
gonna
it.
lie.
Being broken, that always be playing with shit. The niggas be
Bullet
marking
dropping them
I
spread.
played that
bars.
bit driving off from
The nigga skill when you do it again.
Dropping
Nigga
them
skill when you
fucking
do
bars.
it. I use my profits to get some more
Shit.
profits. I'm taking out like a
The
rocket.
monkey bar was
These niggas
crazy,
stuck in
right?
the closet.
Niggas don't be
On the
hearing
way
the
to go
monkey
make a
bar, bro.
deposit.
That shit go
Right
right
now,
over
I'm
niggas'
thinking
Dummy.
heads.
about
That
it.
monkey
These
bar.
niggas
Yeah,
know
you
how we
snap.
rockin'. Bust down the car
That
to my
monkey
bitch,
bar
come and
go right
clock
over
it. Bitch,
niggas'
I'm a
heads,
trader.
bro.
I know how
God.
to pop it. The engine be sniper. Bitch, I'm the shit and it be like a diaper. Bitch, I'm the shit, bitch, you don't
I
gotta
do
wipe
miss
it.
them
I
other
do
albums
me
that
and
we
you
had
know how to
out, bro.
like it.
On
Calling me
game.
Marcus, I
I
feel like
still
a
got the
psychic. Six
songs.
figure nigga, my car
Gold
get
is
a
pushing,
swipe it. Six
bitch.
figure nigga, my car get a...
Gold is motherfucking pushing. That's a good song. Hey,
Boy,
Hey,
oh my
Gold
Yeah,
pushing
mama,
that.
go
that shit
acting
fire.
crazy right now.
Gold acting crazy, nigga. Like on my mama, that bitch acting like she don't want that. That bitch acting like she want to give it. I hate them lows. Y'all know I stand on what I stand on. Like lows get ran. So in looking at in hindsight, it's looking as if like this low right here is the one she wanted to give it up off of. I just don't like how she left both of them bitches. I don't like how she did that though. That's the only
Yeah.
reason why I ain't pop it. You see what I'm saying? I'm a nigga that's gonna stand on my rules regardless. But it's an amazing bottle. Great buy for
Hey,
anybody that's in
bro,
that
that
bitch.
that low she sweat, bro, was a New York PM low, bro.
New York PM low. Yeah, one. Yeah, it was. It was.
Yeah.
It was. Yeah,
Mm.
damn.
It's a gap at 46.19.
What time frame?
1 minute 30.
That bitch said 1 minute 30. What the
Yeah. 1 minute and 30 seconds, nigga.
That's not a
Nigga, who the
time
fuck
frame.
looks at the nigga? You
Hey,
looking
They
at
money
the
double
made.
fucking
down
on
on that
Ask
shit.
everything.
in
They
the
You
chat
gotta
if you like
stop
money.
they
We
doing
got
said
that
that in
shit.
the
double
box.
down
on that
time frame
shit.
he
That
on?
nigga
Madonna on
I
that
don't
shit.
hey, I snipe shit on that bitch. I
Bro, you
promise you
slow
that shit
as hell.
What
crazy.
the
And then
fuck
he
is a
go
one
double
and a
down on
half?
that
I know a
shit.
1
But
minute.
where
What the
you
what
even
is
Nigga
a
done
find
one
that
and
got
a
the
at?
half?
damn
Time
Where you
frame
get
for
Nigga
that?
all
got the damn
time.
Yo,
DLC in
Merc.
that bitch from the
Yeah.
straight
4
That
hour
was
sideways
all
some
the
double
way
crazy
down.
down.
This
shit.
nigga
I ain't
graphic.
never
Boy,
That
heard a
trick
nigga
ass
do
on
his
that
ass
shit.
got the
Y'all
bar.
niggas
The same
funny
nigga
as
from
hell,
last week,
fool.
bro.
Huh,
Talking about he a
crazy.
sniper.
That nigga said
She
1
really
minute
said
and
she
30.
said
Hey,
catch me
hey,
on the
show
90
show us
second
you be
time frame.
sniping that shit.
That
Hey,
Who
boy
said
is
that?
said
that
this
is that
That
shit
that
was
at a
one
Detroit
minute
minute
and
nigga,
and
bro?
30
I want to see
30.
that
seconds.
shit.
Man, take your
why
ass
y'all
off.
all
That's the
over
same
Nino gang?
Bitcoin
Y'all is
nigga from
hilarious.
last time.
Yeah, I think that's that one nigga from last time.
133.
He sounded like that nigga that came on the call one time and was like, "Hey, bro, y'all remember that nigga that came on the call like goddamn? It was probably a
Bitcoin.
couple months ago. That nigga came on the call. He was like, goddamn, and it was like, bro, like you ever goddamn look at a chart with astrology? The fuck is you talking about, nigga? You like you know when the moon lines up gold, man? Shut the fuck up, nigga. Oh god.
Oh
1
my
What's
minute,
the
god.
nigga who
I
90
said
remember that
second
Bitcoin
shit.
time
I
sell?
frame,
remember that
nigga.
shit, bro.
No, got 90-second time frame. Then you got to be out your rabbit. You got to be out your rabbit. Yeah, you got to be out your Roger Rabbit, boy.
Man,
I ain't
that's
You
gonna
a
gonna
lie
bug
to
code.
out
you.
shit, man.
You know, you got to be out your Roger Rabbit game. I ain't fucking with no 90-second. But I do want to see. You see what I mean when I say look at that key level right there, boy. You know what I mean? Look at that instant reversal. Now let that bitch break structure bear. See what I do to a motherfucking That's
What you
run
gonna
on
do to it,
stops.
cuz?
That's run on stops right there. That's run on stops right there, is it not? You know the
Hey,
next step.
hey, Tracy.
You know the next step. You know what I mean, let that next step happen. Bitch is going down in this bitch. On God.
Hey,
Hell
Tracy.
yeah,
Last night, I
that
got
bitch was
my
going
ass belted on the
down for real.
reversal.
You got belted on the reversal.
Yeah, it went all the way down. Like if you look at that 15 minute or the 5 minute, it went all the way down last night. I lost like 2K.
Damn.
No,
Try to
I'm just
stay in the drawdown, one
not,
being
not,
humble.
I'm just playing. I'm just playing, bro. How do you said where you get fucked up? You caught us. You try to go for a sale or for a buy?
Yeah, I
Nigga
was I
say
was I
2K.
was trying to I was trying to wait it out all the way to 4,700, but I got right there, and I ain't put my stop loss up because I was doing something. So when I came back, my shit was in the drawdown crazy.
Right. That sucks. Get it back in blood, nigga. Shit happens.
Yeah, that's it. I wasn't even mad
Shit
about
happens.
it.
That
Shit
jump,
Yeah,
man.
happens.
get it back in blood.
Shit
So
happens.
you waiting on it to close at the bottom of the gap right now?
Yeah. If she don't do that, then the bot gonna keep pushing.
Right,
Yo,
right.
If I want to see it sell, I'm kind of reacting off of what price. I'm neither bullish nor bearish right now. She's in that area where she could drop off from, or she
Right.
could just stay on top of this bitch considering how bullish she is. You know what I'm saying? So with
Yeah.
that being said, like if she want to break structure bearish from here, I'll catch a short-term sell down. She want to keep pushing up, and I'm gonna just let her go. And as I said earlier, I'm standing on what I said. If I'm gonna get in buys because this bitch is way too high for me to buy, I'm gonna need her to clear everything. Like I don't mind letting this bitch push all the way the fuck up here and me missing out on it. I don't mind that. That's just me. You know what I'm saying? Like I need her because if I would have bought that bitch down here, that would have been my take profit. You understand what I'm telling you? You know what I'm saying? So now it's like, nigga, I don't want to buy up here where this is a bearish key area. She needs to prove to me that she's still bullish by pushing on top. And if she breaks structure bearish, I know that what I'm saying is gonna happen. Make sense?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So this is where I'm at with gold. Like I'm in no man. That's why I call it no man's land. Let her show me what she want to do from here, and then I'll react moving forward. Type shit. You feel me?
Do you ride it down or do you just wait for it to get back down there to us?
Depends on what she do.
It depends on what it do.
It depends on what she do. You gotta be patient right now. This is a reaction. You know what I'm
No,
saying?
I'm
Now she's
saying,
at
I'm
an
saying,
area.
once it give you the confirmation that it's going bearish, do you
You
ride it
ride
down?
it down to the next
Yeah.
gaps. Ride it down to the
Okay.
lows. Ride it down to all these FEGs below price.
All right.
I ain't saying this is a goddamn overly bearish sell. I don't know. The nigga gold bullish in the hole. But if she breaks structure bearish, we should get at least a sell down to that gap right there. And that right there, and that's some paper.
Right.
Shit, me. You know what I'm saying? So that's where I'm at with it, nigga. And like if she sells, it's gonna be like it's 9 times out of 10 it's gonna be like a sell, get out and then buy it all over again type shit. If you know what I'm saying? Like, but it's just all about what she does, bro. Like, you know what I'm saying? So it's just all about just chilling right now.
100. Okay. Appreciate it.
Hey,
you adding this video to YouTube?
Everything's on YouTube. We live on YouTube right now.
All right, bet.
Yo, Tracy, that 1
I
hour,
missed the
that 1 hour
beginning.
sell, that was valid off of market open. There was a balance, break the structure, a bearish gap right there.
Yep.
Yeah, she retested.
Dump. Because run on stops breaker structure gap at its finest. You know what I mean? The sales just went down and then you take it down to liquidity. She
course is valid, boy.
TP1, TP2. Wow.
Yeah.
Who said that? Say it again. What did he say?
Nah, about the course, I'm been learning from you, bro.
Wow. That motherfucker valid. That motherfucker valid, boy.
The only
Run on
thing
stop.
is, the only difference is like I noticed that off of the course, you're teaching us to take entries off of key areas, but I see that over here as some more advanced, as you get better with it, you're getting entries off of the 15 outside of the key areas.
And you could aim for them if you already know, like the most basic and easiest way to do it is just to wait for price to get to the key areas and then react off a lower time frame. But you say a price isn't at the key area, but I know it's getting there. You know what I'm saying? That you can take trades in that direction to get that type of shit. Like that's more advanced. You know what I'm saying? But like the easiest way to do the shit at all times is just be patient and just wait for price to get to a 4-hour daily, weekly gap and then trade. Easy way.
Oh, that's what you meant. That's what you meant on the course when you say, look where she came from. All right,
Look where she came from. You know what I'm saying? Look where she came from, and then go off of that. Look at where she came from. Look where she at now. You know what she's gonna go to next.
Okay.
This motherfucker pushing, bitch. I swear to God. Hey, I'm about ready to start. Hey, look. I'm about to be ready to start hunting buys.
Hey,
bro.
I
ain't
dropped
gonna
the
cap.
charm inside the chat.
Hold on. Yeah, I'm about ready to start hunting buys, bro. Real soon. Take it up to this gap right here. Real soon. This bitch is giving overly bullish momentum. You know what I mean? Overly bullish momentum. So I'm very being patient. You know what I mean? Don't get it. If I'm not pressing buy right now, don't be fucking stupid. You know what I mean?
Be a
But definitely,
dumbass. Blow your
on
account.
God. On God. But definitely, if and when she gets a little something, a little pullback on her motherfucking ass, I'm definitely hunting something. No matter if it comes back to retest this 15-minute inversion that she's about to close on top of in the next 2 minutes. You know what I mean? Or if she comes back to get either one of these gaps down here. Either way, I know I just got to see how far she pulls back and the reaction she gives from each area.
Bro.
But
She
next
giving
pullback, she definitely got them standing up. What's up?
Now I was saying she giving hella confluences on that 15-minute too, because that she just broke structure on that BPR right there, right below that 15-minute gap you got right there.
Yeah, it's over with. Yeah, she closed on top of everything. That bitch pushing. That bitch overly pushing. Boy, whoever called that signal in the chat, boy, this is why it's only goddamn dog shit signal callers in my signal in my free signal chat. They called the fuck out that shit. I'm damn, that bitch pushing. Yeah, so yeah, next pullback on gold, because you see how she didn't break structure from that shit. If I said she'll break that gap right there, she would sell. She did not.
Yeah.
And now she used that gap to expand. What is that telling me? She's ready to keep going up. You see what I mean when I say like kind of like you like react off price? This is what I mean. So now she's showing me that bitch ready to goddamn keep that shit pushing. Next pullback I see on your motherfucking ass, bitch. I'm putting belt.
The next
And
15
y'all hear me?
BTA.
Oh, my soul, BTA.
I need that next 15-minute wick. Oh God.
Oh, my soul, nigga. I'm taking it right here up to these relatively equals. This high right here. And this one relatively equals, and then that gap right there. That's what I'm taking it to. But I need her to pull the foot back. Do not press buy right here. Your ass will be grass. And I ain't sitting on this bitch all night neither. I'm finna get y'all a play. That bitch don't happen by like 11, bitch. Y'all gotta figure it out for yourself.
I feel like that 15-minute will give us that week game.
So I ain't staying on this bitch all night.
So another quick question though. So I know you look at the monthly, then the weekly and the daily and all that, but and you entering off the 5 mainly. But like what's your key time frames, like your 3 time frames, I guess, that you know throughout the day? Because after you look at your daily and all that, you don't have to keep going back and forth to that. Or do you just go back and forth from the 15 and the 5?
15, 5, 3, 1. Swerve through them bitches. Swerve through them bitches and find my goddamn areas and find my confirmations. See how she pulling back right now?
Bro, she closing within that 15. She a bitch. Oh, never mind.
That's what I'm waiting for. That's why I'm not tripping on this pullback right now. But hold on, how she closed? She closed.
I thought she was gonna close in there, but she pushed that last second on God.
She pushed that. She pushed that last second. She gave. Wait, let me see. Let me make sure my shit precise. That's cool. It's not. I mean, it's not 100% what I want to see, but that's cool. It's also a big coincidence how she just so happened to leave a big ass fair value gap right there. That means I don't think that's for no reason. The fact that she created a gap in that same bear's gap, no matter if she closed on top of it or not, I don't think that's a coincidence right there. That BPR. You know what I mean? I don't think that's a coincidence. Not one bit. So I'm very curious to see what this next pullback does. I'm very, very curious. Very curious. That bitch stopped short of the 1 minute gap, but you gotta come get that at least, bitch. Somebody got them playing. Yeah, man, this motherfucker looking good, man. Like we can heavily expand. I want to make me some money. That sounds music, man. I'm chilling for right now.
Hold on, quick question. My last question, though.
What?
I ain't spoken to you your ass a couple weeks. You been moving and grooving, boy.
Yeah, what?
So I ain't spoken to your ass in a couple weeks. You been moving and grooving.
Yeah, bro, what's up?
I want to ask how I feel, dog. You about to hit 130,000, nigga.
What, followers?
Followers,
Yeah.
but boy, that shit crazy.
Yeah,
So you come
man.
from 2 digits to fucking 6?
Yeah, that's fucking insane, right? I mean, that shit is absolutely crazy. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I don't know how to feel about the shit. I mean, all I can say is nigga, we work hard for it. That's all I can say. You know what I'm saying? Like, niggas start, These is all goddamn seeds that we planted years ago, nigga. Nope, you been in my shit forever, so you already know what the fuck I've been telling y'all niggas. All it's gonna take is for the right niggas to see what the fuck we got going on. This a rap, because ain't nobody doing it like us. I mean, them right eyes found this nigga, and bitches has been up ever since. You know what I mean? So shit, nigga. It's everything that we knew was gonna goddamn happen. Just took a while. That's a but 130,000 ain't nothing. Nigga, we finna be you looking like nigga. Realistically speaking and humbly speaking, like I'm one of the, if not the hottest thing in Forest right now, especially us and the Slayers, nigga. Like nigga,
Oh
we
God,
got
in
the
the
shit
last
all
6
fucking
months,
locked.
hell yeah.
Yeah, like
nigga,
there's nobody that's popping more than me.
That's why
Gang,
niggas fuck with you though, G, because you humble, gang. Like that's the best way to do that shit when you came from fucking nothing, gang. No bullshit.
Real talk.
When you came from nothing, you get that shit out the mud for it. Ain't no better feeling than that. I don't give no fuck what nobody say.
You 100% right, my nigga. This shit goddamn. This shit really from scratch, nigga. This shit from nothing on game. So I mean, just to see how far we done came from this shit, bro. And it's even crazy to know that we just getting started. Like nigga, all this shit, all this growth y'all done seen me have in the last 6 months. Like nigga, like I literally went from like fucking like Gang said, like fucking goddamn like 10,000 followers to well over 100,000 like 6 months. Like we're just getting started, bro. Literally. You know what I mean? So
My
like to
man
see
out
that
here looking
I'm
like a
excited about
creative player.
And that
you
shit
feel me?
ain't fake humble either, bro. Like that, I met that nigga, you know what I'm saying, when he came down to the A, bro. Like the nigga was popping shit, bro, you know what I'm saying, performing. It's over, you know what I'm saying, 600 niggas in them, you know what I'm saying, the building or whatever. Bro, we go from performing to on the charts, you know what I'm saying? Afterwards, I get to meet my nigga, real life humble ass nigga, bro. You know what I'm saying? Whatever y'all see on Instagram, that shit fire, you know what I'm saying? We all here to get the same shit. But at the same time, the nigga real life humble, bro. And again, that's why niggas fuck with you, bro.
Love, my nigga. Love, bro. I really appreciate that shit. No cap.
Lon
Somebody
just
gotta do this shit, bro.
got hit, man.
Yeah, but I'm chilling on it right now. Chill. Mac and cheese. Mac and cheese. Y'all do what y'all want with her. I'm chilling for right now. I want to see how she gonna react. It looks
Pay my
good.
property, get some more products.
Yeah, man, it looks good though. But just mac and cheese. Let's see what she want to do.
Go.
I don't
Getting on
mind
that.
getting up in. I don't mind getting up in here right now, but it's kind of like without a confirmation type shit. So it's kind of like me getting in on a whim. You know what I'm saying? But I do believe that this body's gonna continue goddamn expanding. Y'all know what my confirmation is though. So that's why I'm just seeing what type of reaction we get from here. Seeing if we start wicking out how many rejections we get from this 50, all that good shit. You see what I'm saying? If I start seeing what I want to see, then yeah, I'll go ahead and get up in that hoe. You know what I mean? Like this shit right here. See how she's rejecting that bitch. But I'm also cautious of that, you know what I mean? The FVG that we're trying to create here, the BPR. And the last thing that I'm also cautious about, you know what I mean, is the fact that y'all see this BPR right here, that didn't get violated yet. So that's why I'm seeing how strong this pullback is going to be. Is it going to be like a crazy ass pullback, or is that 1 minute going to hold his weight? That's what I'm kind of looking at, considering the fact she ain't break this. That's why I'm chilling. You know what I'm saying? I'm really seeing what the reaction going to be. You know what I'm saying? So just Mac real quick. You know what I'm saying? If y'all like what y'all see, by all means, do y'all. You know what I'm saying? But I am cooling for now. And there's also a little bitch ass, baby ass gap that's right here that coincidentally is right at 50%. Right there. Little shit like this is what I pay attention to, nigga. Why is that right there at 50? I ain't like, I'm being a little patient. Now, once again, do not get this shit fucked up. I'm very high confidence that she gets up here. So no matter if I give y'all an entry right here by the time we get off this call or not, depending on what the fuck she does, fine buys. Fine buys. You see what I'm saying? Definitely fine buys. I mean, let me look at some shit.
If I know better women, I got more move by my side.
Let me see if she clears this 1 minute gap. If she clears that, then I'll get in. I'll see what she want to do. So 1 minute gap is right here. Small, but there. If she can clear that, I don't mind going for it. I don't mind going for it, just trying some shit. I do want her to come a little bit lower. That's why I have not called to buy yet, because I want to see if she can come down here. You know what I'm saying? That's why I'm chilling. But if she clears that, I don't mind going for it with a small stop and see if she want to goddamn, you know what I mean? Because that bitch is overly bullish. So I'll see what she want to do. But you see why? See? This is why you wait. This is why you wait. And now she's bringing her ass down to where I thought she was gonna bring her ass down to. I'm gonna look for the same thing.
Get
Wait
ready.
for wait for your bitch ass to reverse right back up, and then I pop the bar. You see what patience does?
Yeah.
So who popped the bar right there? Who did? Don't lie to me neither. Who popped the bar?
I
Not
ain't
Who
I.
pop
popped the
shit.
back?
I'm
Who
waiting.
popped that bar?
Not
Somebody popped
I.
that bar.
I
Nigga be
did, but
hard
I got
headed,
out
John. He
quick.
stay
Pop
I
that
away.
did, but
bar.
I got
Oh
out quick.
God,
I
nah,
be
nigga,
getting
You
my
see, they
ass
typed
toe
that
up
shit.
for that,
They
bro.
said
bro. I
me.
know
Niggas really
somebody
pop
Jumping
popped
that
that
in
bar.
too
bitch, boy.
early.
Nigga be
Jumping
stupid
in
as
too
hell.
early.
I know. I just told y'all niggas I'm not popping that motherfucking bar. I know somebody didn't fucking listen. I
Nigga,
know
these niggas
now.
hard
See
headed,
what
though.
happens?
Damn.
God,
God
Damn.
damn.
Nigga mad as hell right now too. What the fuck,
stupid
man?
ass nigga.
Damn, that motherfucker
You should
just
have did
dropped
that shit,
God,
hella
man.
hard.
stupid ass nigga, boy.
Dumb ass
That's
nigga.
why you wait,
God,
nigga.
For creep.
Do you understand? Now listen, I want y'all to learn from this shit, gang.
1 minute.
Do you understand why
hey,
confirmations are a
anybody
thing?
went for that shit when the
Confluence
Huh?
is
time took,
key.
Do you
nigga?
understand? Hey, what that nigga say? Thought. Oh, God, thought. Oh,
On
shit.
Uh,
duck?
Thought.
Stupid ass.
Oh, shit. Hey, look, but in
Stupid
all
ass
Man,
seriousness,
nigga.
though, do y'all
man,
Stupid ass.
understand?
cook.
Do
Damn,
y'all
that motherfucker
understand
pushing back
why
down.
I'm telling y'all confirmations are a thing, bro? I need y'all to learn from this shit. Don't just laugh, learn. It's a reason why I go for confirmations over just popping a trade, nigga. Trading is half prediction and half reaction. Nigga, anybody tells you otherwise is some bullshit. Price has to get in your areas and then price has to confirm what you need to do from that. That shit don't happen, bitch. And you just popping goddamn trades and shit. Your ass is goddamn grass, nigga. I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? So we said we wanted to look from there. That bitch didn't get that break of structure. We didn't pop the trade. And what happens as a result of her goddamn not popping the trade? I'm not confirming. This is why I keep telling you guys, FVGs run the game. If she would have closed on top of this gap right here that I had identified, word on games, bitch be flying right now. She did not do that. This is why I be telling you guys, nigga, just wait, be patient, nigga. And that confirmation is why I always tell you guys, nigga, once price gets to my area, I want to see run on stops, breaking structure gap. Like I be dead ass serious. I be dead ass serious. Because I know that if that does not happen, then the shit is gonna go in the other way. All game. So shit is very, very simple, my nigga. It's very, very simple. And as a result, nigga, whoever lost money, learn. I ain't on your ass no more. Learn from it, leg nigga. I mean, now.
So now you see Price coming back to run them lows like you was saying earlier?
But potentially. What I see happening from here, is bare minimum this gap right here. Here. You know what I'm saying? This is why I look for price to go to next right here. You see what I'm saying? Then from there, I'll look to see what she wants to do. If this bitch breaks this gap, then yeah, those lows we was talking about is done for. You see what I'm saying? But in order for her to get down there, we do have to break one more bullish key area, which is here. You know what I'm saying? So I know that for a fact that we go from where we at here to down there. I feel this. Use this and do the same thing. I see wrong stops, breaking structure bullish. I buy inside of here. That shit does not happen. Guess what happens? Those lows ran. Did y'all understand what I'm telling y'all?
Yeah.
For sure.
Everybody? Does that make sense?
Yeah, for
Yay,
the
nay?
it's supposed to make sense.
Let me see.
Yeah.
So now I want some. Now I want some sell money, bitch. That bitch done broke structure bearish. I want some sell money now. So I'm gonna see
That's
if
why
next.
I need to go on and give you what I need to give you so I can figure out these key areas and
I'm
because
trying to tell you.
I
Man,
got
look,
it, but I be confused on which fair value gap to pay attention to.
that's what the higher time frame is for, brother.
Yeah, fact.
That's what the higher time frame is for. I want this right here. She come back and get this. I don't mind pressing a lot. I don't mind pressing sell, nigga. Scalp it down to each one of these got them lows, nigga. SL on top of the high. See what she want to do. She got to pull back though. No pullback, no entry. And I want her to pull back prior to getting all the way down here, nigga. Don't just fucking keep dropping, nigga. I don't want that. That's what I want to see happen. We can get that short-term sale, SL on top of the highs, man. Please do not risk nothing crazy. Last time we was live, we went 1-1. We went 1-1. We had called gold buys. And that bitch had us in profit for a little second and said fuck us. But then GJ Bolin I was talking about earlier on the call, that bitch went absolutely bazookas on my soul. So we went 1-1 on the last goddamn live session we did, or the last free live session we did last week. But I need that. I need this little gold sale right here. That be looking good. That
That's
be looking
what.
good. That be looking good. That's literally the confirmation, y'all. Like, look at this. Look at this shit. Nigga, this literally confirmation. Look how price comes all the way and fills in. Hold on, nigga. Learn y'all niggas something, man. Learn y'all niggas something. Y'all niggas don't be learning sometimes, so I'm gonna learn y'all niggas something. All right, look at this shit. Price comes inside higher time frame key area, which this is not necessarily a super higher time frame. It's 15 minutes, but it's a key area that holds weight with price action for sure. I mean, bearish FVG. Price gets into a little bit of a higher time frame key area. Then I say, all right, nigga, if I'm looking for sales, I zoom into the lower time frame and I want to see a run on stops and then a break of structure. And then what happens? It comes to the higher time frame key area, creates a high, runs the high, then breaks structure. It is so fucking simple. It is simple. You know what I mean? But y'all problem is y'all don't be knowing where to look for this shit right here to happen at. So as a result, nigga, you just taking any random run on stops, breaker structure gap you see and be getting waxed. Because it don't work like that. You see what I'm saying? The key to goddamn understand this shit is the higher time frame. And the higher time frame areas that hold weight with price. And then look for that play to happen. You know what I mean? Like you can't just look for it any and everywhere. Your ass is grass. All right, let me see if this bitch can. I mean, you got to pull back for us, though. You already starting to give off a little bit too deep without us, nigga. You got to pull back for a young nigga. But this gap right here, next target for price for sure. 50% of this. I think she got to come now. You know what I mean? I think she got to come down. So, yeah, we just looking for a little pullback. We just being patient. We just being patient right now. And and I want to see if she closes below this low right here. How much time we got left in this candlestick? 8 seconds. It's going to be very important. Close below, bitch. Yeah, she closed below. That's showing good volatility to the downside. Is anybody already in the sale by any chance?
You just called that.
Is anybody already in the sale by any chance?
I am.
Good shit.
I'm in the cell. Y'all niggas know the vibes, man.
Good shit. See how easy the shit? You see how we breaking the shit down? No matter if she pulled back to get the entry or not. Y'all see how easy the shit is? You see how we breaking the shit down and it's happening verbatim? Y'all understand the shit? Is it making sense?
Made $18 in 1 minute.
$18 in 1 minute. You ain't making that. You ain't making $18 in 1 minute nowhere the fuck else on planet Earth for free. I mean, that's legally. So that's legal. You ain't doing that shit nowhere else.
On game.
On the guys. You know what I mean? What is we talking about here? On good. You know what I mean? We is in this bitch, boy. We is in this bitch. Glad to be what? Glad to hear niggas on the ground. On good. Yeah, facts. So yeah, man. Now that y'all got y'all mics unmuted, yeah. Hold on. Hey, who that was? who was at any one of the events again? Holla at me. Now that y'all got y'all mics unmuted. Who was at any one?
I was there. I was the one in Houston.
I was there.
Well, Houston and Atlanta.
Yeah, I was in the Atlanta.
I was in there, bitch.
Hey man, I was at the Atlanta.
I was at the Houston one.
So I
Hey, you know how we popped it in
I
Houston.
need honest feedback, especially like Houston niggas. Give me a second. Houston niggas, give me some. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second. Atlanta niggas, I need real honest feedback, like 1 to 10 scale and all that good shit. Cause I love the event. I absolutely love the goddamn event. But I know we had a couple goddamn little minor mishaps in the meantime, between time. So give me a 1 to 10 rate. Let me get some honest opinion so I can know how to make the next event better. You know what I'm saying? If anybody was there, Houston event too, shit. You know what I mean, talk to me.
I get at Atlanta.
That Houston joint was great. It was just hot in there, bitch.
It'd be hot. It'd be hot in any event, bro. Cause it'd be fucking hundreds of people in a small ass room. That's how it's gonna be. Yeah, I mean, let's get fucking 5 million air conditioners in that bitch. It's gonna be hot. It ain't been out one event that I did where it felt good. Oh god.
To
be accurate, it was 685 people in that club, gang. It was gonna be hot regardless.
If you got in on the sale, you should be in profit though.
Yeah, if you pop the sale, you definitely bunking right now. That bitch dropping draws. Yeah, that bitch dropping draws.
I hopped in that shit
dropping
too.
like a GTA stripper word.
Oh my god, who's in that sale, boy?
Yo, crazy.
Oh my
It's
god!
not-
Tell me I'm a dog without telling me I'm a dog. Come on, look at that shit.
Man, my spam, man, my TP just been snaked, man. I wanted to keep going, bro.
You know that 50% you
I
talking
just made
about.
38
hell,
pounds
that
on
Atlanta
goddamn
shit.
weight.
What
he say? They like
Hey,
Esco
oh
Hurst.
God, I just made 300 on their ass. 300 quick. 1 minute. Blip. Sniper in.
You profit a quick 200, yeah.
Drop how much you made in the chat. Give me something to post. Drop how much you made in the chat. If you pop that gold sale, I'll be really
tag you on the gram too, Tracy.
But we definitely called that bitch out on the fucking money. She just didn't pull back. But did anybody pop that bitch anywho? Who popped that motherfucking gold sale? Went crazy. Bitch, who popped that motherfucker? Oh my soul, niggas say they made 320. Niggas say they made $2,700. $50, yeah, $215. This shit going on, nigga. This shit happening in real time. Not no Markup replay. Not no none of that shit, nigga. MCL 268 deep on this hoe, nigga. That's what I do. That's what I do. That's the, hey, look, that's the feedback I wanted to hear right now. But a 5 is insane. I ain't gonna lie. A nigga that bitch said 5. Hell no, you got me fucked up. You got me fucked up. 5 is insane. Oh God, oh my mama now. 5 is crazy.
Yeah, bro.
No, God, you can't tell me having 680 people packed out in the club in the middle of a day for trading is a 5. You had your rabbit ass mom. Now I would give my own event a 8. That's what I get at an event. I'll give my event an 8. It's a couple things that I need to have better. Now I do agree with what Shorty said though, and this is why I asked for this type of feedback. I just didn't expect 5. But you know what I'm saying? Liquor plus getting niggas to shut the fuck up don't add up. That don't add up, bro. When you need a building of niggas to be quiet, and I done paid $4,000 for an open bar, that doesn't work. That does not work. You know what I'm saying?
Touch niggas a lot of times.
Yeah, I had to tell everybody shh. Right. So I think it's two ways I can play this shit. It's either A, I think that environment is everything, right? I think if I would have had like the fact that it's a club alone, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like the environment. It's just like if you trade in your bed versus you got an office that you go and trade in. You know what I mean? You see how the environment is different, so you think different. You know what I'm saying? Kind of the same thing with like having an event in a club. You know what I'm saying? The environment is everything. So maybe if I would have had the same, setup, but in a different environment, that would have been cool. Or teach first, liquor second. That's what I really should have did. Teach first, liquor second. But I made the first half of the shit networking and I taught last. Maybe if we switch that and now open up the bar until after we get done teaching and then let niggas goddamn get drunk. That'd be a little bit better. So this is all feedback I need to hear for going into the goddamn next
liquor
show.
at all.
Hey Tracy.
Fuck it.
Hey bro.
Nah, we gonna get drunk in this bitch.
Hey Tracy,
bro, fuck what you talking? We gonna get drunk. You just don't got to drink if you don't drink, brother. Just gonna get drunk.
Hey Tracy, bro.
I love networking while I'm drunk, boy. That shit, nigga. I be getting all the fucking nigga. What? You crazy? What? What?
You know what'd be fire, cuz? Like teaching in the club with strippers on the pole, cuz.
Oh my God.
On my mama,
you know how bad. Hey, look. Do you know how much bad fucking nigga? What if I was to post a shit and I went? You know how viral that would go. First of all, that's overly
that's a vibe though.
They're gonna be a one-ass event.
No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's not a
Nigga ain't gonna be able to teach nothing. Ain't nobody gonna be listening to him.
I'm not gonna lie,
God, niggas
nobody
gonna
gonna
be
learn with strippers on the pole.
Man, you
bro,
that man trying to have a
look,
fever dream, man.
Bro, that's too much
You got
distraction,
ass
bro.
eaters business with pleasure.
That's way too much distraction,
no,
bro.
that's how you learn how to cancel out distraction, cuz they over
Oh,
there.
bro.
What
That's
you
like
gonna
jumping in
focus
the
on?
fire, bro.
You can focus on the ass cheeks or what
Yeah,
we spitting, bro.
shaking their ass while we
Like,
trying
come
to learn
on.
how to
Jumping into
trade.
fire and asking to get burned.
Trick
You
your
bring
ass
your
trying
ass
to
to the
learn.
That
beach.
boy trying to persuade y'all on why that shit smart.
That's what it
I
is.
want to watch ass and train at the same time. That don't even make
Bro,
sense.
you're not watching the ass. The ass is there as a
Nah,
vibe.
hey, bro,
I'm dead.
this shit
Bro.
funny.
You don't
I'm
watching the
not gonna
ass.
lie. Tell that to your girl, bro.
You don't mix business and pleasure,
Tell him
bro.
that's
Come
how you
on,
got to
that's you
know.
don't ever mix business and pleasure, bro.
Right.
Tell that to
Half
your
of the
girl.
niggas
That's
that
what she
Boy, think
said.
it would hit me and not
half
with
of the
his
niggas that
head.
came to the event wouldn't even be able to come.
business with pleasure.
Let me know what she said. Okay, when you
That
gotta
nigga
go back
said
home, dude.
have a
His girl
drink
gonna
Thinking
and
with
put
his
him
then have
out.
second
some
head in
strippers
between his
around.
legs, bro. You gotta think with your head for your brain, gang. You over
Listen,
there.
I'm gonna be all the way fucking honest with y'all, and I don't give a fuck how much discipline you think you got, bitch. You have a trading event and in a strip club, bitch. I'm not looking at no motherfucking charts, bitch. I'm looking at that ass. That's on God. So, nigga, no.
That's what I'm saying.
I
No.
ain't get this. It's
We
not
gonna get
personal.
to this later.
On
Bro
my
talk about
soul,
black in
nigga.
the
We gonna have this
noise.
event tomorrow, nigga. You can't put me, nigga. I wouldn't even be able to teach in that motherfucker, nigga. You kidding me? Y'all niggas playing, boy.
That
Hey,
nigga
bro,
be in
look
there.
though.
Hey,
Hey,
that nigga Tracy
multitask
be in
though,
there
like
rocking properties,
multitask,
Nah,
like
bro.
ain't no
why you teaching like
multitasking,
damn, should
Damo.
I fat ass
I'm about
back
ready to
to
fuck one
listen.
of these goddamn strippers.
They gonna be
Yeah,
multitasking,
get the
looking at
fuck
all
on
that
somewhere. Yeah, go on somewhere, boy. Nah. No, girl, try to put your ass bullshit. Feeling her fair value got for real, bitch. She chill.
You said feeling her
Mm-hmm.
fair value.
On my soul. The order field, nigga. Stop all that damn playing. On my soul.
Hold on, y'all. I'm
nigga
about to
say
go
he
fill
finna
this
hit
order.
CP.
Shit.
You gotta be about horny as hell, that bitch. But I about
Who up on that 2K tonight?
yeah, I'm on 2K tonight. Oh
The
God.
strippers can't
Once
come out
2K
until you get
drops,
done teaching.
don't talk to me. God, nigga, I'm not calling out Nell Signal. I'm worried about my player till
That
tomorrow
come out
morning.
tonight.
Yes, it come out tonight. Pre-order.
Ooh.
It might be already out. Shit.
Nah, yo, I ain't gonna lie. Hey,
Damn,
yo,
this motherfucker,
Tracy.
it's finna hit that
Yeah,
50%.
that
So you
bitch out
saying hit that
already.
50%, you
That
waiting
bitch
for a
out already.
confirmation for a buy. No, it's
I ain't
about
gonna lie,
to.
that
On
bitch
that
out
shit.
already.
Wait,
Y'all
it's
got
supposed
about
to be
10 more.
one?
Y'all got about
Oh
10
my
more minutes
fault.
for
I
me.
was
Some YouTubers got it.
bro, I was in a Zoom call, bro. Stop bitching, man. I ain't even noticed. Chill.
Hey, man. Hey, don't let her piss you off, gang. Don't let her piss you off, my nigga. Oh God, bro. It's all
She
right,
heard that
gang.
stripper comment.
You finna make $1 million tomorrow.
Look. This is exactly why we can't have no motherfucking no
He said she
motherfucking
heard
bando
that
strip
stripper
club, nigga.
comment. Yeah, she heard that strip
Bro,
club comment.
Shorty cussing his ass
Everybody
out to
getting
see
bro
a
in
Zoom
trouble.
call.
You told your bitch you had a business event, bitch. Your had
You gotta
strippers
get that
around
man
this
the truth.
bitch.
He
He has
tripping.
Said you
got
were
strippers.
trading business
Nigga
event.
stupid,
He trying
man.
to do it all at once. He trying to get it all out the way.
You know, so bitch, I told you I was got to trade, bitch. What's going
See,
on?
he gonna have
See?
to.
FaceTime
She
me
hit
that
him with a
motherfucker.
location
FaceTime me,
on and
shit.
everything.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Man,
Beat
goofy as
your
hell.
Mine had fried, boy.
He
That
tripping
50% on the
on
way though.
Trying
bro.
to make money and get ass shook in their face.
This
I ain't
nigga,
heard
this
no shit
nigga
like that.
Tracy call it. Hey Tracy though,
Oh,
it's at that 50%. What
TP
we doing?
Smack. TP Smack. I ain't touching it. Do you not know by now to wait? Tell me some what are we doing, nigga? Wait. You ain't learn that back here? Wait. I mean, but TP Smack though. If y'all pop that motherfucking sale. Dog shit. Mwah. Mwah. I'm talking about on the money that you can't make the shit up if you try, my nigga. And the shit free as hell. Nigga. I ain't now the question is, nigga, are you gonna buy or not? Oh God. So remember I told you guys she come down to this gap. I'm gonna see what she wanna do. If she don't give me that run on stops breaking structure from this bitch, I'm not touching her. Alright? If she break below this goddamn gap, I'm selling her motherfucking ass and get them lows I was referring to. If she breaks structure, give me my sequence from here, I'm gonna buy it. Take it back up. Simple. Simple. Gotta be patient, my nigga.
Yo, are you looking for that close on the same time frame that the gap was created on, or the entry
Yeah.
time frame?
No, the same time frame the gap was created on.
All right.
All
So I
right. So
appreciate that,
another
G.
question.
But man,
Uh,
2K got 12 hours until I can play that bitch, bro. That's a
for
fuck.
your for
What?
your setup, the breaker structure. I mean, run on stops, breaker structure, fair value. Got that's only for buys, or
No,
you doing that on the
it's both sides, brother. Just like how it just
okay.
broke down. This is the whole reason why I wanted to sell right here, but she just never pulled back. Same thing. Nigga run on stops, break a structure gap. Nigga run on stops, high, reverse, take out the high, reverse. Same sequence. Then leave a gap.
Right.
So yeah, I look at the same. No matter if I'm buying or selling, it's the same exact sequence, just flipped upside down.
Well, hold on, Tracy. That page just hit the 50%. I'm not sure if I missed it or not.
Nigga, y'all not. Can y'all not hear me? What's on?
Y'all
Like,
niggas keep saying that to that
like
man.
what the
Like,
fuck?
Hell
Is y'all
no.
niggas not hearing me? Or
Wait,
is
but what
niggas just
happened on
got
the
caught
I'm
50%?
up in
What
joking. I'm
bullshit?
joking.
happened?
I
What?
spoke
Brother
too
ain't gonna
much.
get no
hey,
games
Too
out
high,
this
cuz.
shit.
I
hey,
ain't
they
say
said he
nothing.
But
asked you to
y'all
exit
gotta give
shit.
him some grace. He was the
Y'all
one
niggas
cussing
so
out a
boy.
I
girl.
said it
Yeah,
just hit. I didn't say did it hit
Snapping
it. I
so
didn't
bad.
ask him did it hit. I
he
said
was
it
in the
just hit it.
argument.
Yeah, he was in
Meaning
an
he
argument, bro.
meaning
Y'all gotta
you
give that
said
nigga some grace.
Hell
this
nah, he should
man
have been
been
talking
saying
about that
that on the
ass.
call since it dropped. Like, what
He should
y'all
have been
talking
talking
about?
about no ass, cuz ain't no grace.
I'm weak as hell.
That
He said,
shit
bitch,
look
I
like it
told you,
wanna
bitch,
come
I shut the
down
fuck up,
for real
bitch.
though.
Told him trade call, nigga.
Well, bitch,
Oh
I
God.
need it.
Bitch, I need it. Oh God, bitch, I need that shit. Okay. Hey, nah, I ain't gonna lie though. I'ma sit on this bitch for about goddamn 5, 10 more minutes, bitch. Need me some din din.
nigga talking about something put the Zod on.
Tracy.
Bitch, I don't even smoke. Shut up.
Hell nah, Tracy, we up all night, twin.
The fuck we not, bitch.
Uh,
Good.
That boy
It's been a
take
long
a lighter.
10.
hey, nah, hey,
That
yo,
shit look
Tracy,
like
on
it's
some
been
real
a
shit
push.
though, bro. When you
Yeah.
come to New York, my nigga, you don't understand how big that shit gonna be for the whole certified sniper shit, the whole
Be
movement.
there. I'm a
This
matter of
shit
fact, I'm gonna
really
tell you
Wall
what day. I'm
Street
gonna
for
tell you
real
what day
out
I'm
here,
coming to New
bro.
York.
Word of bro, like.
I'm gonna tell you what day
A
I'm
little
doing an
bit.
event in New York. Hold up. I'm gonna tell you what day right now. I'm doing
I
an
don't
event
know
in New York.
yet.
Hold up. It's
I got 100 girls.
September 18th. I'll be in New York.
Say that we
That's
out
When
my
you
here,
coming to
bro.
birthday. I'm
This is the
coming,
Orlando?
movie,
and I'm
bro.
from DC.
I'm coming to
I'm going to New
Orlando.
York.
I'm coming to Orlando on the 11th.
Everybody
The
come
day
out to
after my
New
North
birthday,
York.
I'll be
This
in
Carolina.
shit is
Orlando.
Wall Street, bro. Y'all know
No,
the
I'm
vibes.
coming.
Nice,
What
This
about
nigga.
shit
Come
Cali? Let's
vibes,
tell him
bro.
Cali.
September 18th. That's my
Cali's not
birthday.
on the
That's
book
what I'm
shit.
doing. I'm going to the
You
gym in New
said
York.
Cali what?
I
Cali's not
be
on the
there.
book shit.
Hey, they
He's not
hold
on the
Nah,
book
If
yeah,
it
you
shit.
don't
got to
cook.
get to Cali, man.
I got We got Atlanta on the 5th and 6th. I got Orlando on the 11th, which is the day after my birthday. So I'll probably be out there turning the fuck up for my birthday too, before everybody's in Orlando. Goddamn, Texas on the 13th and the 14th. New York on the 18th, and then 19th and 20th. We're right here in my home state, nigga, going crazy. North Carolina, we shutting it down.
Damn, he ain't coming to Memphis. Fuck.
Not yet, not yet, not yet. I mean, real soon though.
That's gonna
Yeah, I
be
mean,
Let
I'll
though,
wild
go
I
if that
come to
gold.
the.
shit
Hey,
be
I'm
real,
come.
man.
Come to
Gotta
the.
come to Memphis, man. You
Whole
gonna
I
get
got
gold.
peace
My
and
people in
next
North
security
year,
in
Carolina,
Memphis.
man.
Yeah,
I
you
got
my
come to
lined
Memphis, you
next.
out.
straight.
By the
Yeah,
time
yeah.
goddamn
Somebody you
2027
straight.
get here, y'all word on gang, I'm hitting like y'all gonna see me drop a real tour date like a rapper, bitch. Like I'm telling you, gang, like we're gonna hit every fucking major city, nigga. Give me to the year start. I'm gonna have all the shit set up with events and everything. I just gotta coordinate it. You know what I mean? Like nigga,
Man,
this
ain't
shit gonna be
nobody
lit,
straight
nigga.
in Memphis. Nigga talking about
Yeah,
niggas straight.
this
I'm
shit
straight
sound.
everywhere. I'm
It,
straight everywhere I
man,
go.
you saying that shit don't stay here, man? I
Hey,
ain't supposed to have
extra
no shit out
security
here.
in Memphis.
I'm straight
Man,
everywhere I
Extra
niggas
go.
fuck
I
with
security,
don't give a
man.
fuck.
Memphis, man.
I don't give a fuck
All
what you
them
Man,
talking
niggas
about. I'm
shit
mad
straight
at
straight in
everywhere I
Africa,
go.
bro.
Memphis,
You gonna need
man.
I'm
all
just
them
trying
niggas
to
mad
tell
at
you.
Africa.
Y'all
Anywhere.
better
Go to
stop
Memphis.
bumping this side. That shit ain't going on. Them niggas capping, man. We
He
straight in
said,
Memphis. You come,
nigga.
you straight in Memphis. Trey, come down here, man. We gonna pop it. You come down here.
Here we go
Y'all
pop
Everything you
shit,
chicken
need.
bro.
eating that nigga,
I ain't
man.
worried
They
about
gonna
nothing.
pop
Nothing
it.
Nah,
everywhere I go, nigga. Trust me.
I got
Nah,
another question
shout
though,
out, shout out to
Esco.
old Memphis, my nigga. I fuck with y'all niggas. Word,
Y'all nigga funny as hell. I want to
Why
hear y'all
Yeah,
roast a
I
yeah.
got
nigga ass.
Y'all gotta
word
come
up.
down
so
here.
I want to hear y'all nigga
so
roast a nigga ass. Well, get on a nigga ass on this car, but somebody get the flame nigga
Man,
ass.
baked bean head, that nigga. What's up to mine?
Big.
Man, Johnny chicken eating that nigga, man. Fuck wrong with you.
Nah.
Chicken gizzards eating that nigga. What's up with you?
Man, American Deli looking
So
at
said
nigga,
your
man. Fuck
shit
wrong with you. Elvis Presley
cheesy. Yo,
Boulevard looking at
nah.
nigga,
Man,
man.
Whoopi
Fuck wrong
Goldberg
with
looking
you.
at nigga. What's up with
Upo
you?
Man,
said
Mississippi ass nigga, man. Fuck you
cheesy.
talking about,
Cheese
man.
Man, your
Louise.
head shine
Nah.
the hell out there. Mine.
Ah,
Crisco, you got Crisco
Somali
on your
shit
head, don't you,
looking
cool?
at
Nah.
nigga,
Stop
man.
playing
Fuck
ugly
wrong
ass.
with you.
Mine, y'all
Your ass
funny
feel
here.
like
Y'all
chitlins,
niggas
boy.
the
different.
funniest niggas I
Tracy
know,
folks
boy.
said
Man,
Hubba
look at
Bubba
that dude
nose
Dude
man.
looking
ass.
at
Like
nigga.
Bro,
glad
I
to
Oh,
don't
rap
know
off the
not, boy,
super
I don't know
donut
not
chewing
one nigga
ass
from
nigga.
Memphis that's not funny, bro. On my soul, all y'all
Like
niggas
Joe
is
Bob
hilarious,
So
said.
gang.
word
Tracy,
to
I be stealing my
Boy,
sweat away. I
making me
check
want
from
to
y'all
smoke
niggas, bro.
right
I got to steal y'all swag, but I could be roasting niggas, bro. You just got to
Man,
start
you
throwing
got to.
random shit at a nigga.
Just say
man.
anything. You can just, mind, whatever you think about, just throw it at nigga ass.
Throw that at this.
Just look at it, mind. All right, bike seat head ass nigga. You just got to look at shit around the room.
he
You just hit
called
him
him
with
a
it.
baked bean head ass nigga.
arm
Hey
and
That
hammer
Tracy.
head ass.
Damn.
Hey
nigga
Tracy.
sound just like a Memphis nigga. What up, bro?
I'm trying to I just need to be switched over. I already got my account funded and everything. I'm trying to get in the signal chat.
You hit me on Telegram with your shit.
Yep.
same
Should be
thing,
Jay
same
Vision. I'm
thing.
gonna just
Yeah.
hit you right now. I'm about to hit you again right now. Look, watch
Yeah,
this.
move.
Hey Tracy, let me make it with the two, bro.
Huh?
Let me make it with the two.
Yeah, I'm about to say
Let
I
me
hit
make
you
it
on
with the
Tele
two. What you
too.
talking about?
Oh yeah, all right, right now. Look, this is
Two
me
funded,
right now.
funded.
Just sent it to
Go
you
ahead and
right
add
now.
them up.
Jay
Add them
Vision,
up.
Hey, I'm finna get it.
purple.
Hey, go on look at them gold by Trace.
Yeah,
Nigga,
that purple one right there. Yeah,
John
yeah.
Morant
I'm
looking
trying to get
at
in
you,
the
man.
signals chat with
Gold,
that
you,
man.
bitch
yo.
ain't talking about shit. Gold ain't talking about shit. Gold ain't talking about nothing. Y'all got to relax, bro.
What would
I'm
you
not.
That
waiting for
shit,
it to close on the gap,
Yeah,
right?
that
go dropping panties right now.
I don't even like where she at. I think this bitch gonna drop. I ain't gonna. This is God, that was a pretty strong drop off, nigga. That was a real strong drop off. And she might close below this gap and go
Yeah,
run
that's
below.
me right there, Tracy. My bad. Yeah,
Bet. I see all y'all niggas.
it
hey,
says
you
switch
can hear
over.
me?
All right. Yeah, I hear you.
Thank you.
What
My
pop?
Telegram SRT scat. I sent you a
Yeah,
screenshot from
I
the
done
account.
seen your message already. Yo, your name stick out to me because bitch, I'm trying to get another SR. I just wrecked my SRT. I'm mad as shit.
Yo,
So I already,
word, like what's up with that? How you
I
wreck the
already
bitch?
like your
Yo,
name right
that
now,
shit is
gang.
crazy.
I'm
No,
trying to get. I
I
want to get.
hydroplane,
I
bro. I was
want
on
to
the
get
way to
me an
goddamn. I was
SRT.
on the way to Atlanta, and goddamn, it started raining hard as hell. Like not no me speed and shit, no none of that shit. It literally started raining hard as fuck. I tried to move to
Nah.
the middle lane, and goddamn, you know them SRTs notorious for hydroplaning, gang. I just lost
And then
control.
after you crash, it stopped raining?
Yeah, like literally. I
What?
swear to God, it was fucking crazy,
Damn.
gang. It was fucking crazy, bro. It was just like my
Man,
luck. It was
Nah,
just my
like,
luck. It literally rained for like 15 minutes, bro. I'm talking about it came down hard and then stopped out of
nah.
nowhere, gang. You know what I'm
hey,
saying? I hydroplaned and I got to spent around in the middle of the highway, and that
Damn.
back side of my car hit like the middle, like that median that be in the middle of the highway. Oh, so it hit that bitch. And I ain't thinking, nigga, if it was up to me, I would have kept the car, but insurance totaled it. So I was just like, all right, nigga, just give me the money and I'm gonna go goddamn Hellcat on there.
Hey,
So I'm trying to I'm looking for another cat.
nigga, the
Yeah.
other crazy part is,
Damn,
nigga, that
bro.
happened right after somebody seen your ass on the highway and you posted it.
Yeah. So, oh God, yeah, nigga had
Damn,
just posted my goddamn car and tagged me like, nigga, they're gonna see us. Let's go. And 5 minutes later, I wrecked my shit.
damn,
Oh,
that's crazy.
yeah, that's okay though. That's okay. Insurance is one of the biggest scams on planet Earth. It is. It is.
Oh my
Uh,
soul.
yeah, it's
Yeah, for
fucking
real,
stupid.
for
Shit
real.
crazy.
But they paid me out for it.
Paying
I gotta go.
fucking
I gotta go pull
agents
up
and
on them
shit.
niggas tomorrow. They gonna got them finalize and shit, and they gonna pay me out to pay for it. And then, yeah, I'm trying to got them. I'm realist. I want to get a new Hellcat by the end of the week, but realistically, that's not gonna fucking happen. Cause I'm finna go to goddamn St. Martin on Friday, and I'm gonna be gone for a week.
About to say, man, I
Goddamn.
got the Hellcat plug in Florida.
Yeah, nigga, I live in North Carolina, nigga. I'm not driving the Hellcat 8.
That's one of the cars I'm trying to get, either a
I'm not
Hellcat or
driving the Hellcat from
SRT100.
motherfucking Florida to North Carolina, but I fuck around not make it back. So, oh God, boy. So, 12 don't be playing with them, got them cats, nigga, going through certain stages, boy, hell no. But I'm trying to find one out this motherfucker relatively close to me. I mean, anywhere in North Carolina or Atlanta type shit, I drive to go get that bitch. Okay.
Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
What
Hey,
you think
look,
better,
hey,
SRT or a Hellcat? Which one?
Listen, the Hellcat is just faster and more dangerous, if we're gonna be all the way honest. If you don't know how to
Jesus
control that
Christ.
bitch, yeah, if you don't know how to control that bitch, boy, just get
You
get
gonna
the
hydroplane everything.
Hey,
I ain't
listen,
gonna
that
lie,
scat
just go
is
get a track hawk,
I'm
folks.
trying to get one, but
that
I need to be
scat is
switched over.
a demon. Niggas be thinking that scat ain't goddamn crazy, bitch. That scat is ridiculous. On my mother soul, y'all stupid as hell. That scat goddamn is fast as hell, boy. That Hellcat is a different breed, bro. It's like, nigga, that different breed, nigga. You gotta know how to handle that cat, boy. You don't know how to handle that cat, boy. If you ain't never drove no fast shit, no fast heavy shit, you don't need no cat. I'm telling you that right
I'm
now,
trying
boy.
to get one, but I need to be switched over.
I like
You got one
that
of that Cybertruck,
i8
nigga?
Roadster too,
I
though. That
did
shit
want a
got
Man,
hard.
go for
Cybertruck.
that 5.7
But
pursuit,
now
motherfucker. All wheel drive.
I got my lineup right now. Nigga. I need
Hey,
this
it passed
Hellcat.
50%. Shit.
Yeah, I
You
need this
like whatever.
Hellcat, and then I need this motherfucking goddamn TRX. I need both of them
I've
bitches
been
by
in
the
the
end of the year.
i8 Roadster. Those are hard too. I fuck with those cars.
I'm over I8. The I8 is cool, but nigga, nah. Like I got it for the looks, nigga. It looks good, and that was my dream car at one point. But bitch, now I drive a lot of cars now, nigga. That I8 is
I
cool
feel.
for aesthetics. So and that bitch overly fast, so don't get it fucked
I ain't
up.
gonna lie, that month.
The reason why I8's kind of like got that
That
motherfucking
shit.
hate is because it's a hybrid game. And when you driving a car like that, you want to hear that vroom vroom, but you don't hear no vroom vroom. It's a hybrid, so it's quiet but it's fast. It's like a Tesla that looks like a fucking vet or some shit. I don't know, whatever. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, goddamn, like it's a beautiful car and it's great on gas, and you're gonna get all the goddamn head turns you need. You know what I'm saying? And it's affordable when it comes to like supercars and shit. It's like a starter level supercar. But that is no longer my dream car now that I got it. No longer my dream car now. I need that motherfucker. I don't even know what my dream car is, but I know I need the
96
Maybach.
Gazette.
I need them. I seen that motherfucker. She cool. She cool. I think the Maybach. I need that Maybach, bitch. Fuck all that.
You seen
That
that
shit
new
looks
Camaro, motherfucker?
like he's
I don't want
pushing
no
it.
motherfucking Camaro.
Man, I got a G80.
I don't got them Camaro, nigga. Nigga say Camaro.
Hey,
No.
that Rumble
McLaren
be clapping
720s.
too.
I done drove them. I feel like my dream
GLE
car is something.
350.
I feel like a dream car is something I ain't drove yet. And like these McLarens, and shit, I done drove these shits, gang, like, multiple times. Renting them out. And, like, so like nigga, I think my dream car is something I have not drove yet, nigga. Like it's a difference between cars I want and then like my dream car. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah, I feel that.
yeah.
Go ahead and go get you that Vin Diesel, folks.
Or go Van D's on a nigga.
On
I'm
God,
weak as
nigga.
hell.
Those
We'll go
supercharger in that bitch.
supercharge on that bitch. Go up on the fuck
That bitch
nigga.
gonna be nasty.
Man, go Bacani on
Er,
their ass.
Man, what's up, Bacani? Them
Bro,
720s, not that
I ain't
shit.
gonna
KJ
lie.
got. Nah,
I,
720. KJ got a 520
I,
or a 5, whatever number it is. Oh, yeah,
I go a
KJ.
barber's truck, folks. The bitch is
Huh?
clapping too.
A barber's truck, but what the hell? Oh, a Brabus. Oh, Brabus.
Rabbits, nigga.
Yeah, that bitch said Brabus. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Barbers.
Yeah, that nigga did say barbers. Ugly. You know,
If
nigga
you
said
want, if you
Brabus.
Stupid
real
ass.
performance out
No,
of a
God, stupid.
McLaren, you gotta go 765 LT if you want real performance, or
I
720.
don't want no McLaren, bro, because I done seen KJ drive that shit forever, and nigga, them shits be fucking up.
Yeah, they got
Mm-mm.
electrical problems.
Yeah, McLarens be fucking up. When them bitches fuck up, they gonna stay in the shop forever, bitch. Fuck all that. And it's expensive as hell.
Damn.
I
That
I
don't
oil
don't
want
change
never
no.
like
think
800.
about cars. I just want a
So that I
good
mean that's for
car.
any supercar. If you plan on getting a supercar, bitch, you better just plan on maintenance, nigga. Like, nigga, I remember
You
I used
just
to be
have
broke as hell. And
American
I used to be
muscle,
like,
folks.
nigga, like you'll say what you want and won't do until you can afford it. Like you ever be like, nigga, like I'll never buy a foreign car, nigga. I ain't trying to pay for that maintenance until you can afford it. And you be like, all right, nigga, I'll buy the foreign car. Even though that's all I was. I always tell myself I'll never buy a BMW. None of that shit, nigga, until I can afford it. Now it's like, all right. So saying that shit to say, nigga, whenever you got down, if you're investing in a supercar, nigga, if you really want to drive foreign, you best believe you're gonna pay some dog shit for even a tire change, nigga. You gotta be ready for that. You know what I'm saying? And paying for the car is one thing. The maintenance is a whole nother investment when it comes to these motherfucking cars, nigga. You know what I'm saying?
A good
So you
investment is
better be ready for that
appreciation
shit.
vehicle.
So is you
The
fucking
one
with
that
the Euro truck?
appreciates, like a Murcielago or something, or old SV or something. You have something that actually, you know what I'm saying, or old M3, some E92, they're reliable engines. You know what I'm saying? When it comes to like BMW, you can put a B58 engine in the i8. It's just difficult, but it'll be more reliable than the hybrid itself. You can't do much, no modifications on the i8.
Can't do no modifications at all on that damn i8. It's all electric. You're right. You can't do nothing but make
Damn.
the aesthetic. You can put a little bumper on it or something, bitch. But if you just think trying to make that shit fast or something, it's over with. Can't do
Just
shit on
go
that
get you
motherfucker.
a Thunderbird, folks. Go.
Hey, I might be hunting buys right here. Everybody relax real quick. Hold up. I want to see if this goddamn version right here holds a weight just like this right here. If so, I'm just buy and scalper up to these gaps right here real quick, like little, like something not too crazy. Buy gold and put your stop right below this low and scalp it up there if you fucking with that.
You heard it?
I
Yeah,
see
yeah.
that.
The more she comes back here, the better the entry is. Put your stop loss right below this low. Do not risk too much, please. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? Don't go too crazy. You just take her right here. We're gonna go TP1 right here inside of 50% of this gap. We're gonna go TP2 right there inside of that gap, the next 50%. And if she can break all that, then nigga, we be lit to take it all the way up. Definitely go ahead and hunt some buys, man. Definitely hunt some buys. Let me goddamn get my shit together. Let's see if we can goddamn catch us a little nothing too crazy real quick, man. Yeah. That's a good close.
Crazy.
Like, what's
Just keep me
the expecting
posted.
us to be?
On the switch over.
I got y'all. Be patient right here, y'all. Be patient right here.
You bought
You know what I'm
already?
saying? I'm
Oh,
finna press buy.
we running off 1 minute? All right.
Yeah, I'm finna press buy here in a second.
Oh.
I'm liking it right here. I'm gonna press buy right here and put my stop right here below this low and see what you want to do. Once again, I'm not risking too goddamn much. You know what I'm saying? Just goddamn seeing if we can get a little short term scalp up there real quick. Nothing too crazy. Do not goddamn do too fucking much, nigga. Almost fine. Want to see if she want to go grab them gaps real quick. I mean, nothing too crazy whatsoever. Short term. If she don't get it up from here, then we just mac and cheese. We just wait. We just wait. Just wait.
So we're not pressing buy yet, correct?
This nigga just don't fucking listen to him.
You always have to be like that though, bro.
He been saying
Never,
pop that
ever,
motherfucker.
ever, ever.
Nigga listen and then ask again. Goddamn.
I ain't gonna lie, I popped
But
that
once
bitch and
again,
got right out
relax
of it.
though.
That nigga do
Relax
the
though.
opposite of everything.
So, you know what I'm saying? Don't go too crazy on this bitch though. Once again, like, you feel me? Just got them throw a little something on that bitch. You feel me? I'm definitely in that bitch though. I'm floating goddamn $45. I popped a standard on it. There she go. Come here.
Damn, I
Profits. Let
just
go.
jumped in when
There
that
she
shit
go.
spiked
Come
too.
on.
Let
Come
go.
on.
All right, I'm
Come
in.
on.
Let
Come
go.
on. Come on.
Boom.
Come on. Fuck a nigga talking about, bitch.
My phone, what the fuck my
Yeah.
what the fuck my what the fuck my phone? Damn, what the fuck my phone? I'm in a NASDAQ trade, I'm holding loans.
All right, chill out. Let me chill out. And before I turn up too goddamn early, this bitch get goddamn playing with my stupid ass. Hold up. I need her to close up here. And then I turn that bitch back on. Hold on. Man, fuck all that. Nigga, run that bitch. Play that shit, nigga. We outside. Nigga, run that bitch.
They must have lost some chromosomes. Bitches in my crib that don't want to leave like Home Alone. I was broke as hell, we ain't gourmet ramen noodles. I had to make shit shake. Look gon' come around when you getting paper, just know that shit fake. Keep my circle smaller than the grape. Don't need niggas in my face. I can't be in my room. Niggas, I start feeling out of place. Take your time, let a nigga go your pace. This shit is not a race. Niggas playing way too many games. Fuck around and got a race. SIT my bitch in the passenger seat like, do you got a race? Flexing on these niggas so goddamn hard, I know they out of shape. Let's go. I don't got time for playing no games, and I don't got time for messing with hoes. So many cars I got outside, I changed my whips, I can change my clothes. Put the medals on my face, now I can record when you go low. Ballin' on them niggas so them long, I'm mad that I ain't go. That I ain't go pro. Let's go boom and be the GOAT. Like tell me something that I don't know. The designer on my sneakers cost 2,000 for my toes. I be trapping off my phone, I used to trap it out with bows. Look at me now, I'm in that mode, nigga. Like damn, look how far we came. How the fuck these niggas don't got no car, but they still got a chain? All that stupid shit gon' get you killed. Someday you gotta change. I need being Houston sipping champagne with Johnny Dang. Girl, I say these niggas
rejections. This is why we're getting rejections right here. That's why she keep playing between our entry and here. She needs to break this. She got to break that, or else we're gonna keep seeing this bitch play games. And so the bitch keep playing ping pong between our entry and shit, going back and forth in the profit and shit. She's annoying. She got to break this. We got to break this. You know what I mean? Or she gonna fucking play games. So let's see what the fuck this bitch wanna do. So and if she don't give it, we're gonna look for the exact same goddamn thing. But I'm gonna get off the call too. Good. Let's do it.
Sell that mean they extra lame. Money make a bad bitch do whatever, I gotta entertain. I can't let a nigga check me off, this ain't no checker game. I done tune the whip into a dragon, this bitch been hella flame. Smack a TP, then I repeat. How the fuck I make a tell for PC? Put a shit on, it fade like a 3D. Baby girl know I'm the shit like a VC. I ain't tryna laugh at Kiki, I'm tryna get me a bag and then leave. Wake up with ice on my neck and then freeze. These nigga pussy as hell, I been peak. I done stabbed me some hundreds 10 feet. Tryna run this shit fast and 10 speed. Run around up and take it a Bentley. I'ma go anywhere that she send me. Never seen no one like me like Wemby. I'm a trader, bitch, I'm having plenty. I'm a trader, just made with your Rippy. Better bring your ass on to the win team.
He playing a little bit of sideways game. That bitch want to play back and forth and shit, boy.
Man, run that bit back, Trace.
Nah, hold on, bitch. I ain't running nothing back. This motherfucker holding her goddamn weight too goddamn much, bitch. This bitch got one more. This bitch got 2 more seconds before I just closed this bitch early. So she about to shut down. I ain't running shit back. Nah, I ain't running shit back, nigga. Fuck all that. Hold on, nigga. So that bitch done broke below my gap. That bitch better get the reacting up over here. I ain't gonna let that bitch get to the stop loss. I'm gonna close that bitch. She gotta show me something ASAP. Just like that. Wick out, bitch. Wick out. You know what I'm saying? You got to show me something ASAP, nigga, or I'm not going.
Yeah, that shit was back and forth for real.
Yeah, she hit us with a little consolidation shit. She started consolidating on that motherfucking ass, which is something that we can't necessarily do nothing about. You know what I mean? Like, remember, I done talked about this shit a lot of times, but when it comes to like you entering and then after you enter, she consolidates. Can't do nothing about that shit. You know what I'm saying? You can do something about it if you see it consolidating prior, and then you know, all right, let me wait until it's done consolidating. But if you enter a trade and then after you enter, she starts consolidating on your ass, there ain't really nothing you can do about that besides either holding through or closing early. You see what I'm saying? Like, you know what I'm saying? So like, it's unfortunate that we got hit with a little bit of sideways after we entered, but now we at that point we can't do nothing but either hold through and see if we goddamn get right, or if y'all scared, nigga, just close early and then we wait for the consolidation to be over with. That's the only thing we can do. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said,
I believe it's gonna go up though because of that rejection.
Yeah, I'm liking a rejection.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. As soon as I said that shit.
Oh yeah, nigga, that's what the fuck I'm talking about, nigga.
Yeah.
Nigga, that's what the fuck I'm talking
Quick
about.
$40.
Fuck, nigga.
Come on, man.
Type of shit that pays for the course,
nigga. Told these niggas get up in your bag and get out your feelings. I done got my foot up in the door. Now we in the building. In the phone, I can press the button and think I'm feeling. Getting money like I'm trapping, but I'm just a civilian. 5 bands in 30 minutes. Now that on I can't trust her.
Now she should give it up. Why? Because what's the play at all times? Run on stops, break a structure. What we finna get all the way up. Oh my God.
Oh my God. Yes, nigga. I'm talking about, nigga.
TP1 approach. If you in profit, hold on. Now let me get my content, baby. Let me get my content, baby. All the moves that I've been making this nigga, we still live. 2 hours later, we caught the whole sale down. Just bought that bitch down there. Now we finna approach CP. Who in this buy with me, man?
You hear me?
Who in this buy with this bitch?
Go.
Ain't that shit going on.
Gang,
Gang, gang, gang.
Looking good. It's looking good. It's looking good.
We just need
Bom,
to go up
bom,
here.
bom. Word up. It's looking good.
Ooh,
TP1
all that
approaching.
They
shit.
see the vibes.
TP1
They know the
approaching on that
vibes,
buy,
y'all.
man. We just took this bitch down and we taking it back up. For sure. All right, look, this is
Yes,
what I need y'all to
sir.
understand. Just pay attention, pay attention, pay attention. All right. Picture perfect world. I'm gonna delete this box down here. I need y'all, especially depending on where your entry at. If you got that bitch anywhere down there, at this point, break even that bitch. If you caught that bitch anywhere down here at this low, break even now. All right. For us, that got your entry a little bit higher. We need price to respect this FVG because once again, run on stops and then break structure. You know what I mean? So she just ran stops on the low. She just broke structure up, and now she stopped short of this 1 minute gap. You know what I'm saying? So picture perfect world. She pulls back, smacks this motherfucking gap right here, and then we expand. If she closed below this gap, I'm closing the trade. I ain't finna sit here and got to play around with price. You know what I'm saying? So goddamn picture perfect world, pull back here, or we just fucking keep blasting off all I care. I love the fact she already closed on top of the high too. Show momentum. Great. I mean, ran stops, broke structure, left the gap. It's that 3-step sequence. All right. Next pullback should hold her weight. I think I'm gonna see if I can call the buy now for everybody. Cause I didn't call that buy in the Discord.
This
And
stop
then we're gonna
loss
see if
on
we can
this
take
bitch.
that bitch up. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see if she's gonna hold her motherfucking weight. But it's looking good, y'all. It's looking good. It's looking good. And for everybody that's already in the trade, make sure you manage this bitch wisely. All right. Once again, if she
Yeah,
closed
better.
below this gap, I'm no longer fucking with it. You know what I'm saying? Because that if she closed below this gap, that then turns to this high getting ran in the breaker structure bearish. You know what I'm saying? So you don't want that to happen while we in this goddamn buy. But it's definitely happening inside of a higher time frame key area, right? BPR, this just popping off from Glau. You know what I mean? Ran stops, broke structure inside that bitch. Yeah, you know what I'm saying? It's looking good. So once again, let's see if this gap holds the weight. And we should be able to catch this expansion up. I'm calling buys inside the chats now.
Oh my
That bitch trying to
god.
leave a nigga. That bitch trying to
Damn.
swerve.
God damn.
That bitch trying to
That's a
swerve.
Damn.
That bitch trying to swerve. We go SL right below the low, 46.48. TP1 at this gap, 46.52.
There we go.
This shit too easy, man. TP2 is 46.
That shit going crazy.
46.54.
That bitch bombing. Oh my god.
TP3, 46.56. TP4 is taking it all the way back up to this inversion up here that we never got. If she really want to get it up. We go 46.59 and then 46.63. 46.59 and then 43.63.
Jeez.
Y'all are
That
literally
motherfucker.
getting my process on exactly how I call my trades live and direct. Y'all better be grateful. This shit shouldn't be free, but we making it free because trading is a new trap bit. I mean, all right, everybody should be nice and in profit right now. You know what I mean? Once again, I love the equal highs you're starting to create. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell everybody, manage their risk wisely. Because niggas is known they got them empty the club. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we're looking good. She's reacting off the breaker block for all my niggas that got my course and all that good shit. But I do want her to come down just a little bit lower, because she's stopping short at 50% of the 1 hour gap. You know what I'm saying? Tell everybody we still on Zoom too. Yeah. See how she's she ain't trying to got no swerve yet, but she is starting to leave equal highs right here. That's stopping short of that 50 watts. So that's looking real, real good. Once again, everybody should be in profit. Manage our positions wisely. You see how she's stopping short of that 50. That's why she ain't leaving yet. So we want her to come down here and grab this 50 watt. You see what I'm saying? And then from there, kind of expand back up to those highs. And if she breaks below this goddamn gap, once again, take that, just go ahead and close that up. We ain't gonna let her get down to the stop. The signal I just called, the stop is here. When we got in on the call, the stop is down here. You see what I'm saying? Y'all seen the difference because she just ran stops and broke structure type shit. So that's what I'm saying. She got them break below this. I ain't fucking with it. We'll just reposition type shit. Y'all can hold if y'all want to and keep y'all stopped up. But nigga, I probably go ahead and got them say fuck that shit. God forbid she close below this. You know what I mean? But as long as she keep holding her weight just like this right here, TP gonna get smacked. TP gonna get smacked. You feel what I'm saying? All right, so let's see how she want to goddamn rock. Turn the music back on, bitch. See if we can give us one more expansion to the upside. Give us this TP1 smack, bitch. Don't sit here and play with the game. Yeah, I mean, we want to see this bitch give it overly up. Overly up. And let's play some trader talking,
Yo, I tagged you on the green. What's good?
Sure.
God damn.
Tell a nigga, let me know. 5% up on the whip. You can't see me when I go. If we talking about that money, then this shit be on the flow. I done ran up me some digits, but I'm trying to get some more. I done sold it for the high when I bought it for the low. I ain't talking about no work, bitch. I did it on my phone. I got way too many hoes. It's like in that money mode. I be setting up my goals, knock them down like dominoes. What the fuck be going on? Sipping down the same Patron. All these niggas going
like
broke.
I say, y'all,
they need to take.
if she closes below this gap, I will goddamn look to reposition. You know what I'm saying? Like, just cut that bitch early. Remember, our original stop was down here. This is kind of where our original entry is, depending on where you pop that bitch on the way down type shit when I called to buy. So this is kind of a little bit where this is where our original entry's at type shit. You know what I'm saying? So we're reducing our risk by looking at this gap over that low right there. So once again, she held this motherfucker. She looking good right now, holding her weight at that goddamn gap. God forbid she closed below, taking on the chin, we're going to look to reposition. You know what I'm saying? And if we got them get us, if she respects that little TPM1 right there to that gap, gonna get smacked.
Oh shit!
Ooh,
There she go. Come on. It's too easy. Too easy. Play that unreleased. Play that unreleased. Let's go. Bitch, let's go. Come on.
Damn.
Come on, nigga.
It's that trader talk.
Money, nigga. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it.
I'm back on my shit, but you knew that already. Bitch, I've been popping my shit for the year when we talking about trading. I prove that already.
Very fucking go.
Out over these bitches, but don't even know I done screwed that already. Woke up at 8 and my pockets was empty, and nigga by 10 they was too fat already. Know that I came a long way from them trenches, but niggas don't make it. This shit can get deadly. Put down that lid, nigga, look where it live, and now everybody in this bitch gon' respect me. Shorty won't kick it with me like I'm messing, but this bitch messing. She tryna test me. Niggas ain't stupid, they recognize real by the way that I dress. They know how to address me. Know it get hard when you look for support, but everybody won't give you resistance. But niggas know I ain't keeping my distance.
We gotta sit this bitch out, bro. She's still consolidating, gang. It is what it is. It looking good, and she's still leaving more highs in the motherfucking ass. She won't pierce them. You know what I mean? But unfortunately, she's still playing sideways games, bro. You know what I'm saying? So once again, that bitch sideways as hell on that motherfucking ass. She consolidating.
She trying to roll.
God damn.
That bitch running, bro.
She know why? Cause we just opened up more lot. Chill out. Y'all know y'all did. Y'all know y'all did, man. Chill out.
Yeah, I popped the ass again right there too. I definitely did.
I did too.
I definitely did. But listen, manage, right? So I said, listen. I nigga just said she closed below that goddamn gap, bro. Leave her be. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Go ahead and leave her be, gang. You know what I'm saying? Leave her be. Leave her be. You know what I'm saying? Clip that shit early.
That bitch took
clip her early. If she closed below that bitch, clip her early. You know what I'm saying? That's what we got to
I
goddamn
dragged
do.
my stop
Clip her
loss to
early.
break even. That shit
Clip
closed
her.
out.
That's fine. That's actually great. If y'all was able to trade, y'all stop at break even. That's amazing.
Be smart.
Take that bitch. Clip it. She's done. That's what happens. She's done. Reduce that motherfucking stop. That bitch done. That bitch was looking amazing. But we got hit with the sideways chop, bro. That shit sucks. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that was liquidity right there. Like,
it's all good. It's all good. You know what I'm saying? She's still stopping short of shit. Like, so we know that this reversal is eventually coming. You know what I'm saying? But she's on some sideways type time, liquidity sweeps and shit. You know what I'm saying? And look how she just ran that motherfucking low right there. Word on gang, try to do it again, see what happens. Word on gang, try to do it again, see what happens. Look at that bitch. All she doing is liquidity sweeping. Try to expand again, see what I do.
It sure took another 20 from me.
$20 my ass. So see what she does from the. If she expands, then we get in. If we don't, I know some of y'all niggas still holding this bitch too.
Yep.
I'm still holding that bitch, bro.
I know y'all do. This is how you need to play it if you're still holding the trade. You know what I'm saying? She just ran this motherfucking low. When it comes to sideways markets, you feel what I'm saying? This bitch went sideways on our ass after we entered the trade. You feel what I'm saying? Shit happens. You know what I mean? We can't do nothing about that if we enter, then after we enter, she goes sideways. You know what I mean? So that's just something that fucking happens from time to time. But we know that when sideways markets come, it's all based on liquidity, correct? And if we're looking for goddamn expansion to the upside, we want nigga price is going to liquidate down. So the point I'm trying to make is that if we're right on this analysis and price is going to end up getting to this 50 watt, then that liquidity sweep that we seen obviously wasn't enough for price to gotten get up. You know what I'm saying? So let her goddamn run one more goddamn time. if that's what she wants to goddamn do. Understand this is reaction again, just like how we reacted here. So if we're right on this motherfucking goddamn trade, if we want to re-enter, you know what I'm saying? Then she's literally going to have to run one of these lows and then expand again. If that does not happen, then the bear just continues. You know what I'm saying? So now it's all about goddamn seeing what the fuck she want to goddamn do. I broke even on that bitch. 2 of my entries broke even, and one of the motherfuckers I popped right there. So I really lost like $100.
Same, but with $40.
You said what?
I say that's the same, but with me, but I lost $40.
I lost a little $10. I ain't
To
tripping.
close 2 trades out. I'm open on 2 more positions.
No, I'm no longer in it. You know what I mean, I told y'all if she closed below that gap right there, I was
Yeah, I click
yeah,
mine.
I mean, yeah. I told y'all that shit. I ain't gonna play. You know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna sit
I
there and play
just
about that
lost a
shit.
40 ball. Fuck that shit though.
That bitch got that bitch stopped so short of that goddamn TP, bitch. That bitch was right there. On my soul, that bitch was right there. It's all good. Wait for it. Wait for it. That bitch said trade was ass, gang. Down.
Yeah, we go. This go determine right now if we get back in right here, right?
No, I'm not getting back in right now. I'm waiting.
No. I'm saying like once this wick or this candle finishes, is what's gonna determine.
No, it's all about we need another expansion up. You know what I'm saying? We need this bitch to blast off again and kind of leave.
And then we jump
You know
back
what I'm
in.
saying? And then we jump back in. But if she does not do that, then she's not done selling. You know what I'm saying? So it's just all about literally just being patient. We're looking for kind of the same reaction that we got down here. You know what I'm saying? As far as like running the stops and then breaking up and then leaving a gap. We need that same reaction somewhere down there.
But just
You know
somewhere
what I'm saying?
lower. Okay.
And if that don't happen, then she ain't done. Then she's just not done selling. Point blank period. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Now, remember what I told you guys about this 15-minute gap down here? And I said that when the real whole reason why we was actually like looking to buy that bitch in the first place, because she gave us that little goddamn 1-minute confirmation from here, right? You see what I'm saying? Now she got down, the whole thing was this right here was what's going to determine our analysis. So I'm still standing on the fact that we look for buys here, and we still could potentially goddamn buy from here if she just running stops again. But this 15-minute candle close below that gap, I'm selling the fuck out of that bitch. Point blank period. You know what I'm saying? And it's looking as if that bitch want to goddamn close below. You know what I'm saying? So if that goddamn happens, that's when I'm switching my bias. You know what I mean? But until then, I'm not going to switch my bias because this gap is still here. But if that 15-minute candle closes below, that's when I'm going to start looking for sales. You know what I mean? So this is why I'm goddamn just chilling on goddamn paying attention to what's going on here, seeing if she just liquidity sweeping again or, you know what I mean, if that's the pullback she wanted to do, which is looking crazy considering she stopped short of that 50. You know what I mean? So that's where I'm at with this motherfucker, just being patient again and see if she's going to give another goddamn bullish reaction. If not, then goddamn let this bitch drop and we're going to get in position for sales.
Check out the 4 hour real quick.
Yes, sir.
All right, and it's a man. We just ran the previous 4-hour low, but it's a 4-hour bear CRT going on too. We stuck in between 2 CRTs. It's really depending on how this 4-hour candle closes too. That'll tell us a lot too. That's not for another hour. And I ain't gonna be her that long. I ain't gonna be her that long. But once again, I'm just gonna sit on this bitch for a little bit and see if this is just a liquidity sweep or if she overly expands to the downside. And that's when I'll know what the fuck to do moving forward. You know what I mean? So pay attention to how she reacts to this low. Remember how I keep telling you guys candle closes versus wicks and shit? You see what I'm saying? So pay attention to how she comes down to this motherfucking low and what she got them does. You see what I'm saying? Is it just a sweep or is she going to overly expand below it type shit? And lastly, we need to do is see if there's any more gaps that's below price that needs to get filled. Because that's going to obviously let us know if this bitch is hunting for liquidity. You know what I'm saying? Or if she's just looking for one more key area type shit. And looking below price, nigga. This like the last gap right here before it ain't nothing below us. You see what I'm saying? So with that being said, yeah, this 15-minute candle close like how she looking now. I'm going for sales off that. I ain't gonna cap to you. After that little bullshit right there. Let me see the 1 hour. Yo.
I think we gonna have to buy in a second.
Just wait. Just wait, nigga.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Just wait. You know what I mean? the confirmations that I look for, I'm telling you guys, like bitches is everything.
A boss say yes, sir.
Yo, so like chill. You press buy right now, that bitch still chopping like that.
Yes, sir.
Your ass is dumb, folk, gang. I ain't gonna cap to you. That bitch giving it up for that self. Oh, so that bitch giving it up. You know, so yeah. You know,
so made a quick 20 off the sell, nigga. Hopped out there.
Well, I know some of
boy
y'all
funny like a motherfucker.
No, I know some of y'all niggas probably for that goddamn. That bitch dropping, bitch.
As you said, wait. I said, all
right. I just closed Marshall.
Took like 3 trades.
I been got out that.
Yeah, I
That
need to make that
motherfucker might
40
go
back
lower.
there.
I ain't gonna
Y'all,
I
cap.
need to make that 40 back there. I just lost, nigga.
Hey,
you
Tracy,
telling
get
me
his.
I you telling me y'all telling me I was just y'all
Oh,
I
this
was
shit
just
going up.
you telling me that I was just y'all liquidity? Oh, y'all telling me I was just y'all liquidity like a motherfucker? Y'all just swept my shit and then y'all just swept my shit in the 8? That's fucked up.
Damn,
That's fucked up.
eat it for
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's too late to get in that bitch.
Yeah, I'm
Oh no.
already. I'm still holding the buy position. We still rolling.
Who's still holding the buy?
Me.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. You fried, bro.
You fried,
Chill,
bro.
You
gang.
say you
Chill.
fried.
You just
The
turned. You
20,
just
bro.
His
I'm
turned.
ass
good.
used the
I'm
10
good.
cent lot size
46
game.
'When that bitch hit negative
47.
150, then
That
I'm
Yeah,
nigga
he
good.
got
probably
fate.
cool.
That's
He
what you
probably
call
Nah,
fate and hope, cuz.
nah,
Right.
you crazy.
Nah, I
You
ain't gonna lie
crazy,
though.
gang.
He
You
I
might
ain't
be
had
gonna
to
good.
lie
He
be.
though.
might be
When
good.
he
On
hit
some
that
I
real
mean,
shit
nah,
though.
yeah. I say off of Tracy method, yeah, you crazy, but
You
I
crazy.
mean, shit, he might got it like this. Shit.
Yeah, last time
Nah.
I did
Nah,
that, I
brother,
lost
this a
300.
funded account, brother.
Fuckers,
Mm-mm.
you bet
Oh yeah, so
any.
yeah,
Nah,
nigga.
ain't no yeah, nigga. You just turned a fucking small ass risk into something like that. Are you kidding me? You bullshitting. I much rather would have just took the loss and then pop it again down there.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
hey,
what I
y'all
did.
gotta learn how to clip shit early, bro. That's
That's
why I
a way
told you
better
guys she closed
position.
below that goddamn gap. I would close the trade. I already knew what was gonna happen. You see what I'm
Hey,
saying? The
cuz
gaps tell the whole
he
fucking
took hold
story.
on forward to
I'm gonna
another
let it
level,
play.
cuz.
There's no hold, no fault on this boy. This bitch looking nasty for the sale.
He took that shit to another
You
level.
gotta have faith, bro.
That bitch looking
That
nasty
nigga
for the
holding
sale, but
off
your
on
You
ass
dropping
tripping.
it.
draws for this dude.
Oh
Nigga,
God,
if
after she just pulled
anything,
that
you
move
should have
right
jumped
there.
into sales, nigga.
Yeah,
You
after she
gotta
just pulled
read
that
the
move right
market
there, nigga.
structure,
Nah,
man.
nah. I ain't
That
looking for
nigga
buys no
different.
more after that. Nah.
Yeah,
Oh God, I was looking for
yeah,
buys at
true.
one point. Price just definitely disproved everything I was looking for,
Oh
bitch. I'm
shit! I
definitely
see
looking
what
for
y'all
sales.
saying. I see what y'all saying.
That shit
Oh,
dead. Next pullback on this motherfucker.
damn!
I'm clipping a sale, bitch.
That
Fuck what you
made
talking
a
about.
difference.
That nigga tripping.
Oh,
Whoever just dropped that shit
dude.
in the
All
chat
right, that
square.
bitch at
Talk
negative
about,
35. She
I
at
see
negative
what y'all
35. I'm
saying
gonna get
after the
out of
money
there.
burnt.
Nah,
I'm gonna
Man,
his ass
somebody
fried.
held them, bro.
I'm gonna
His ass
revisit.
fried, boy.
That,
Nah,
I am
overly,
Friday too.
cuz.
that bitch sent that bitch a decade later. Still
I know
good.
that nigga lost like an extra $40, nigga.
Nigga,
That
money
nigga
be
trade like the
gone
A
and
bank
then
for
negative
be
real
like, oh,
40.
I
nigga.
get what you're saying.
I was in profit though.
Oh,
I was in
That shit
Billy,
profit
crazy as
That
hell.
nigga
$50.
traded like the bank for real, cuz he handling them drawdowns,
That
nigga.
boy held that bitch to the next
Bro,
level.
nigga
Yeah,
Man,
basically
no.
nah,
donating to
you
charity,
fried.
nigga.
Hey,
You
look,
got to learn how to clip
I
that
ain't lose
bitch
no money.
early, nigga. You got to
This
learn how to clip
life
that
in
bitch
slow
early, boy.
motion.
You cannot take a loss that small and turn that shit into something that big. I don't give a fuck how big of the lot size you pop to where you think you okay, nigga. No. That's bad habits, bro.
yeah.
No.
You on the
No,
This
bro.
ass,
demo.
this
Yo,
No.
that
ass
bitch
said,
made his
oh,
No.
segment.
No.
I
No.
see.
He's stuck. That bitch finna drop. I ain't gonna lie. I'm just looking for the next pullback for
Oh
me to
no,
goddamn
I
get
ain't
my
in that bitch no more.
make good. Good. I'm just looking for the next pullback at this point for me to make my little goddamn $100 back, bitch. I
Yo, I
mean, I think
lost
she gonna do
like
something like this now.
$200 earlier, bro.
Yeah, man, it's the first loss. This is
Ooh.
the first loss of the week in our singles chat. You know what I mean, some little slight shit. But we definitely finna spin and get this shit back in blood. She just pretty much confirmed. This is how when remember I be telling y'all when it comes to these gaps, and I'm gonna leave y'all with this. I'm gonna get about this at goddamn midnight. I'm gonna leave y'all with a couple bars real quick. You know what I mean? Remember how I be telling you guys that, especially like my VIP students and shit. You know what I'm saying? Um, when it comes to these gaps, right? And I tell you guys like the gaps control the story. And I always teach like if I'm buying and selling off of gaps, and I'm telling you guys that these bitches control the motherfucking trend. You see what I'm saying? And I lose a trade on a gap, you know how easy it is to make the money back. You know what I'm saying? It's like nigga, I'm buying off this goddamn gap right here, and she have ended up closing it below it while I was in the goddamn trade. You see what I'm saying? That right there, I could have popped the fucking sale right the fuck there and just fucking made the payback. You see what I'm saying? Once she broke and retest that motherfucker. But I didn't want to goddamn do that. I didn't think that was motherfucking smart. I was waiting for more of this type of expansion and then look for FUG like this. You know what I mean? But point being, you see what I'm saying? That these goddamn gaps can tell you everything you need to motherfucking know. So if I'm bullish at one point and then price just so happened to disproves my analysis, that's another reason why I never trip on losing money, because I know how easy it is to get it right back. This is why I'm now, you're going to see by the end of the goddamn night when we get in these gold sales, and I call the signal in the chat. You're going to see by the end of the night exactly what I mean. You know what I'm saying? It's real easy to reposition and get shit back when you abide by these gaps, nigga, because they pretty much tell you everything. She respect bullshit, she'll keep buying. The second she disrespects some bullshit, the trend switches. Just like how I did right there with short term. But even though wasn't really bullish for her, she was bullish up here. And this right here was the pull back inside the gap. And then once she got them closed below that motherfucker, closed below this, Close, but that little 1 minute gap that was within it, shit, fuck it. You know what I mean? So these gaps control the goddamn story. So even when these times that nigga take a little loss, it's gonna be real easy to reposition because the gaps tell me why shit is happening. And once I know why shit is happening, all right, bitch, I know where to take it. Does that make sense, y'all?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know
Hey,
what I'm saying?
T, I got one more
Yo,
question.
Stop,
Shit,
son.
man, it's giving me down.
When I take that money out of my wallet and like transfer it to my account, my trading account, do I put like the whole 300 or just put like piece by piece type shit?
You said what? Throw the whole,
Nigga, that's up to
whole
you.
300
just
now.
load up your 3 gang.
Whole three,
Whole
bro.
300 in that Just bitch. load
You
up
gonna
your
do
Yeah,
that?
3,
whole
folks.
If
three.
you
You
do that
gonna
shit
need
$100
it,
at a
chat.
time, he do that shit $100 at a time. He gonna end up with 225. Got taxes gonna
Oh
eat his
yeah,
ass
the fees
alive,
will be
boy.
trash.
Taxes gonna eat his
Man,
ass
they
alive.
man.
You know, my soul throwing that whole 300 in that bitch, boy. Don't you dare do that shit
All
$100 at a time.
No,
right.
I think he
Yeah,
talking about when you
that's all I wanted
transfer
to know.
from the main account to the trading account.
You can put the
That I
whole
know.
thing in there, unless you don't
So
want to
just
risk the
do
whole
it
thing.
all in one swipe.
You ain't
Man,
gotta do
put
it all in
all
one
of that.
swipe.
They
Why
gonna
we sitting here
tax you
playing?
every time. Yeah, every time you
Oh
put in.
God.
Every time you make every time you make a transaction, you getting taxed. You know what I'm saying? So you want the less transactions.
All right.
Right? Put all that shit in at one time. Now you may start feeling like that once you like dealing with the only time I split shit up, like, and I haven't really done it yet because nigga, this is the only time I will split shit up because nigga, I don't be making no crap. I don't make like $100,000 withdrawals and shit, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Like I keep my withdrawals low for this reason. This reason what so goddamn ever. Cause the second you start pulling out overly dog shit at one time, like back to back, nigga, brokers get the flag and shit. And brokers get loaning your leverage and bullshit and shit like that. You know what I mean? They'll do that shit without telling you. So instead of me goddamn pulling out big ass, say I made $100,000, I wouldn't pull out the whole 100 at one time. I'll pull that bitch out in increments like 20. You know what I mean? Not, and I'll eat up the taxes that come with it to stay not flagged by the broker. It's a difference. You know what I mean? When you start goddamn, y'all niggas ain't never pulled out no motherfucking crazy. I be around niggas that pull out fucking millions of fucking dollars out of these brokers. And I know there's a big difference between breaking that shit breaking it down, versus got them trying to pull out all dog shit at once. You
All right.
understand? That's the only time that I goddamn really. That's the only time that I really goddamn break down a payment. You know what I'm saying? Besides that, throw all the shit in at one time, take all the shit out at one time. How that
Crazy.
nigga
We
KJ
gotta
not
take
flagged
shit
yet?
out in pieces, and then we gotta put shit in full.
Oh, bro.
Crazy.
You know what I'm saying? How's KJ not flagged yet? The reason why niggas like KJ and like all the rich ass niggas y'all see, like nigga, I get money too, but once again, I don't pull out $100,000 withdrawals, nigga. You know what I'm saying? They do. They pull out 100,000 plus. They don't give a fuck. Yeah, I mean, so it's differences, real levels to the shit. But at the same time, goddamn, the reason why these niggas don't get flagged is because in order for niggas to trade with that much money, we have to know the owners of the broker. You understand? Like, nigga, we have to have a conversation with these niggas. We have to be like, hey, bitch, if I'm trading on your platform, bitch, you have to pay me out. Like, it's a contract that you deal with when it comes to trade with that much goddamn pay. You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, it's one you nigga, a nigga with anybody funding up with $1,000 and shit. You only make it 20, 30, 40,000. You can do that shit with any broker for real. You know what I'm saying? You start doing a little bit too much, they might get on your motherfucking ass a little bit. You know what I mean? But you can do that shit with any broker without a goddamn problem. When we talking about $1 million withdrawals and shit, you know what I'm saying? You can't put all that money inside of a broker without knowing them niggas. You know what I'm saying? That's why niggas be looking at niggas like side different. You know what I'm saying? Because like nigga, that nigga fucking 30, 40 million dollars. Nigga, stop it. Okay, but what broker you know? I mean, but regardless, you know what I'm saying? Like that's why niggas like KJ and them don't get flags. Cause nigga, when we put our money inside of a broker that got, I keep saying we, bitch, I'm not on that level. But when them niggas put they goddamn money inside of a broker, when they're throwing $1 million out of a broker, niggas ain't just signing up like how y'all do and just deposit like how y'all do. Nigga, we sit down and have fucking dinners with the fucking owners and shit. You know what I'm saying? Be like, all right, nigga, this is how we gonna goddamn play this shit. This what you gonna give me. This what I'm gonna give you, so I can make sure I keep getting my motherfucking withdrawals, bitch. You know what I'm saying? Like, nigga, it's a whole contract. It's a whole deal that you got to make with these motherfuckers. Niggas that rich nigga cannot just trade on any random broker without getting they shit fucked up. You know what I'm saying? You got to talk. You got to talk to these niggas. You know what I'm saying? You got to really have a real understanding and a real contract with brokers when you up that much dog shit. You know what I mean? Relationship is key. Exactly. You know what I mean? Relationship is key. That's why we fuck with fucking Genesis so much. Cause like when it comes to us putting that much goddamn money inside of a broker, you know what I'm saying? I gotta be able to fucking sit down and have a dinner with the niggas that's got them handling my money. You know what I'm saying? And at any point in time, nigga, we can go and fucking fly out, or they can come and fly out and come meet us right the fuck tomorrow, nigga. We can go have a dinner on everything. That's why we fuck with Genesis so much. Customer support. That's besides the point. Do we have any like questions on price? I'm gonna let y'all know what the fuck I'm doing with gold real quick to goddamn get this motherfucking goddamn paper back. So next pullback up to the upside inside of this FVG right here. You know what I mean? That's why I'm gonna start hunting sales. It's either two areas this bitch is going to sell from. You see what I'm saying? Here, inside of this little FVG, or if she want to come back and goddamn get inside that 50. But looking at where she's at now, and considering the fact that this 15-minute candlestick already closed, I think she'll probably react off of this gap right here. You know what I'm saying? So next pullback up, I want y'all to start hunting sales to take her back down to those goddamn you know what I'm saying? The equal lows we identified at the beginning of the call down there. You know what I'm saying? We took that little bitch ass baby loss, nigga. Imagine us like losing that little small ass loss and getting this shit all the way back down there. All the way back. Look. That's what I'm looking for now. You know what I mean? So next pullback up on this goddamn gold chart, I'm definitely hunting sales. Y'all see me calling in the chat once I see what I need to see. And we will get that little bitch ass loss back in blood, nigga. You know what I mean? Until then, just be patient, sit on your hands, bro. That bitch don't pull back, give you a good entry, nigga. Ain't nothing talking about. The second she does, though, start hunting. All right, take it down to these goddamn lows. I'm gonna tell you right now that I think this. Yeah, everybody hit me on Telegram. I'm gonna get in the chat tonight. Everybody need me. I'm gonna get y'all in. All right.
Yeah, I'll text you. I'm trying to be switched over.
Man, same here.
I got y'all, bro. I got y'all, man. You know, it's a fucking this like 150 y'all. Just be patient.
You
Let me
got
go
me
through these
wanting to
messages. I
change my
got y'all.
name now. I don't even want that shit be ST no more.
What is that?
He make me want to change my name now because he said about your SRT and shit.
Oh God, yeah, no, I don't like that shit. Yeah, I don't like your name, man. I won't like your name again until I get my cat. Oh, so
Nah, I'm gonna change it up. I'm gonna switch it to something.
You good, bro? I'm just talking shit.
I want you to know it's me.
You soft as hell.
You pussy.
He talking about I'm the switching. He's so
Pussy
soft.
ass nigga. Soft as hell, folks.
Grown ass man.
Not
Grown ass
switch
man, by
it.
the way. Grown ass fucking
I'ma
man, by
still
the
get the
way.
card, but I'm gonna switch
And
my
let the little
name.
boy
I'ma
make
switch the name.
Tracy's not gonna like me. I'm gonna change my name.
Titty baby.
When Tracy don't like me.
I'ma switch the name.
Word on, okay, y'all niggas crazy, but let that young
Is it
nigga live,
okay,
man.
sure ass
He
nigga?
just trying to show love, but that's all, man. Y'all
It
crazy.
don't even matter.
Am I gonna get in trouble, ass
Hey,
nigga?
nah, that nigga came on this bitch so soft, folks.
I'ma change my name.
I'm gonna change it.
Yeah. I like change my name.
Oh my god, y'all niggas
no.
funny as hell, man. Y'all niggas funny, bro.
He talking about. He
That
told
nigga
his
say
ass.
grown ass baby would change
He
my name
told
to
his ass.
diabolical.
Nigga, if
You
don't go
made me
blow your
feel away
nose,
when you
nigga.
said that.
Hey, it don't even matter. All I know is
Talking
he
about
jumped in
young
the
nigga,
group
bro.
Nigga
and
said
Y'all
blow
made my
your
nigga get up off the
nose.
call, I think, bro.
Damn, he
right
left
there,
the
never mind.
call?
Nah, he
Nigga
right
said
there.
he left the call.
Nah, I think he left.
Nah.
Y'all made that nigga lead the call, bro.
No,
nah,
man,
I'm
no
still here.
love.
Nigga said, you know I be rapping.
y'all some
Nah,
bullies.
niggas
Love,
still
bro. You're
here.
just trolling, bro.
The
Come
nigga
back,
know
bro.
it's all
Bully
I'm
love.
that
sorry,
He
baby
man,
ass
we
nigga, bro.
nigga.
You
good. We
just
Y'all
trolling,
good,
some
bro.
bro.
We good.
bullies,
We good.
dog.
Y'all
Nah,
is
why
some
y'all
bullies,
bully that
bro.
man, bro?
And that
Bullies.
man
Them young
said,
bullies,
Nah,
man. That's
that
nah,
nigga
spot,
listen.
bro.
said,
That
I
nigga
ain't
Y'all
trying to
bullying
lead
loving
some
this
money
shit.
just
bitch,
like the
bro.
rest of
Come
y'all
Still got
niggas.
on.
some AO teeth.
that nigga
I ain't
said,
gonna lie,
y'all
gang.
bullies,
Hey,
man.
look, folks,
I mean,
if y'all high and y'all just rewatching some of the live videos, gang,
Fuck
it's
his
a
little
lot of
pretty little
funny shit
heart.
that go on them bitches.
Yo,
I
that nigga
swear to
about to watch
God.
the
oh
YouTube
God, bro,
videos
I
and
Say
be
hunt
no
everybody
watching
down
all
who's
of
talking
them.
shit.
Man.
Yeah.
Nigga about to watch the YouTube videos
He
and
gonna
replay
he
that
gonna hack
shit.
y'all IP address. Y'all better chill.
Yeah, alright, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Y'all
Right.
wicked,
alright,
bro.
Nigga
bro.
whisper, that
Man,
nigga gonna get
y'all
y'all.
better VPN. He better
That
be
nigga talking to
Yeah.
himself right now. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I'm sweet. Oh
Nigga got
yeah.
his hand on his head,
Man.
looking to the
That
ceiling.
nigga sweet as hell.
somebody
Sweet
said
Ray
he need to get his
barbecue.
testosterone up and do
Nah,
50
bro. Y'all
push-ups.
niggas, man.
Niggas
Y'all
say he
niggas
look like a
stupid,
stress
bro.
poodle.
Y'all niggas is
Hey,
crazy.
bro, did that nigga got his camera on? He got his camera on. Let me see that young nigga.
Yeah, bro.
It's
What's
Let me
good?
see
Go
that
JR
young
Phil.
nigga.
right here,
Oh,
man.
hell no.
Oh, hey.
Popping.
Damn. Lil Uzi looking at.
Damn.
They gotta stop all
Oh,
that.
hell, hell
Ain't no
no.
more
Stop
honey.
all that.
Fuck
Where
was
my
that?
Memphis
What
niggas at,
the
man?
fuck was
Turn that
that,
Where my
fool?
fucking shit
Memphis
back
niggas
up,
at,
bro.
cuz?
What the fuck was that, fool?
Those
No,
beanhead
let
ass.
me
What the
turn that
fuck
shit
Lil
was
back
Uzi
on,
that?
Vert
man.
Like
twin
one.
lick.
Nope.
His shit.
Turn
Stop,
that
hey,
shit
stop
back
stealing
on,
my
Mike.
chicks and you ain't doing it right.
I'm weak as hell, boy. That nigga popped out with the motherfucking lip rings on the nigga.
Nah,
A
you
squirrel with
pulled.
lip
On
rings
both
looking ass nigga, man.
sides.
Call his ass little
Both
coochie
Pro
bird.
three
sides.
looking ass nigga.
That
Freak
bitch
as
had
hell.
two.
Most sad.
Halo looking ass.
Yo.
Bitch had
Ain't
two
gonna
of them
lie,
hoes.
but what I
Six
seen, nigga,
seven
hey,
looking ass
oh,
nigga.
okay,
And his ass
He
got
605.
said five
draws.
Red
He said
dude looking
six,
ass
seven,
nigga.
and
No.
that
Nigga
Quick
said
question,
six,
y'all.
seven looking ass nigga.
Tree shit.
Spooky
Six,
Lou
seven.
head up.
Damn it.
What's the
It's so sweet.
Bro, what the
So
fuck is
He
wrong
had
with
them
y'all
two big
niggas,
long
cuz?
ass piercings.
Nigga crazy.
Hey, that bitch had two big ass little goddamn knobs right there on both lips.
that was
That
the
say,
nigga
hold
that was
on.
white.
Hold
Freaky
on.
man. Freaky
Y'all make him
man.
regret turning his
Cause
That
camera
nigga
on.
sponsored by
I
Red
knew
Bull.
I should have never turned on my camera.
Hey, I got a question, see.
Nigga said I knew I
Hey,
should have
man,
turned
look,
on my
Maria
camera.
Tia Sneak
He said
Mask.
probably
Yo.
going now.
Man, nigga.
Hey, bro, fool, bro, y'all niggas funny.
That nigga
Hey, look at the
crazy.
chat. Look at the chat. Oh my god,
He
this
fuck
nigga
tripping
just
like
Oh,
trolling.
y'all tripping. Y'all tripping in
Nigga
the
said
chat.
that nigga like a freaky bomb.
Oh no.
y'all niggas is stupid as fuck. My
That
laptop
That
died,
nigga
bro.
nigga said
crazy.
Kiki Lizard looking at me.
Hey,
That
so I ain't
nigga
gotta pass
sponsored
no
by Red
challenges with the
Bull.
300
Hey,
account.
the
I ain't gotta
chat.
pass no
Hey,
challenges.
bro, this
Who
chat
put Lil
conversation is
Uzi?
going crazy.
Hey, bro, let me turn my laptop back up, bro. Y'all niggas is stupid, cuz.
Little coochie bird.
Bro,
Oh
I was
fuck.
talking about niggas just cooked that nigga so
Niggas a
bad.
coochie bird.
Niggas
They said
cooked
that
him.
nigga
He got
sweated
him
like a
out of
sinner in
here.
church.
That boy turned this
Nigga
shit.
dirty.
Hey, y'all
Little
know
ass
That
tapeworms.
Bitch ass nigga
Oh
like
shit.
Boot Gang in his prime. Stupid ass.
Nigga
chill
said
out,
punk
bro.
gang. What the fuck? Nigga got
That's why
mad eye
that's why I
curls
fuck
and
with my
shit.
community, nigga. We get down with the
Nigga
get down
said
with this bitch.
coochie bird.
y'all niggas freaking
Hater.
stupid.
Oh
I hate.
god.
He
I
I
hate
fuck
funny.
with
black
my
Yeah,
community,
people.
so I love my community,
his
nigga.
little ass little coochie bird.
I hate niggas.
He
Angel,
mad.
why the fuck is you flaming that nigga like that? So she dropping all the motherfucking goddamn shits in the chat. Tell that nigga ugly as hell.
I'm
We
not gonna
fuck with
lie.
that nigga though, bro. We fuck
He
with that
scared
nigga,
me a
bro.
little bit. He scared me a little bit.
Yeah, it's
God
all love,
damn.
bro. It's all love, bro. We just playing.
Uh,
Damn,
where
can't
Yes, it's
take
all
you
love.
around
We
the
just playing. It's
hoop.
just a joke.
Shorty fire.
You ain't
Now
giving
where that
us a
nigga
good
go
night after
though?
that. He the
I,
star of
I
the show
stay
right
from the
now.
best.
She
Where that
paying.
nigga
Oh,
go?
he
We
got
we
it.
not we
Strong.
not
Bring
there.
him
Fuck with
around
him.
the horn.
That's niggas
Y'all
love
made
you.
that
You
nigga
know.
go
Let Shorty
reevaluate
No,
his
from,
life,
niggas
I ain't
love
bro.
gonna
you when they
lie.
talk shit about you.
I don't give a fuck about none of that
You
shit,
gotta have a
honestly,
tough
bro.
shell.
Oh
Hit him
fuck
all
Oh,
money.
gang.
no.
Oh
Hey, you
shit.
tripping right there on
Nah.
that.
Getting back
really?
to
Oh
him.
shit, too?
Oh,
He let here, cuz I ain't
Oh
gonna lie.
like
oh
You know,
stars.
they
no.
call that nigga a zesty bird.
Hey,
Oh
where you from,
Hey,
bro?
no, for real, he
no.
scares me too.
I
Hey,
know
nah,
you
real
Man,
shit.
shaking
Where
the
you
rainbow
from, bro?
before, folks.
I'm from
why
New
you got
York.
out on prison in your
Oh, you
face?
from New York? What part?
Deshaun,
Yeah.
Deshaun, stall him,
Bronx.
hurry, stall him.
Nah, I'm trying to figure out where bro from.
Be on your
He
ass,
said he
brother.
from
I'm
New
from
York.
Bronx. I'm from Bronx.
That
From
nigga is
Bronx?
not from the towns, bro.
Hold up, I'm
He
about to
from
say
Bronx, nigga.
who from the towns
That
in here?
nigga is
I'm
not
from
That
the
from the
nigga
towns. We
said
not
he is
towns.
jacking
not
him.
from the
We not
town.
jacking him. We not
We
jacking him.
not jacking that
Y'all
Yeah, we
nigga,
niggas
not
ain't
folks.
from
jacking
the
I
him.
town.
jacking.
We
Nigga
not
just
jacking
stepping
that
out.
Really
nigga,
from the
bro.
Underworld.
town.
Oh,
That
y'all.
nigga he is from
I'm
the
playing. I'm
city,
playing.
bro.
They
Hey,
said
from
that nigga need
Why
to
y'all
put
not
rhino
jacking?
skin
by
in
the
his
south.
bino.
Y'all see what's
Yo,
going on
y'all
in
I'm
can
the
have that
saying,
nigga in
vibe. Y'all know
Iraq,
the
bro. We don't want
vibes.
that
Hey,
nigga, bro.
Say
I'm saying like,
Yeah.
why y'all not fucking with gang
I'm
though?
from
That's what I'm trying to
Netherrealm.
like.
You feel?
Why y'all not fucking with gang? What he
You
do?
ain't
Nah,
looking.
this nigga.
Fuck you
He
mean?
What the
is.
hell
He
wrong
is
with that
fucking
nigga?
with him,
This nigga look
gang.
like a predator character. That's
Tracy
why.
hella
fucking
stupid,
dead.
bro. That nigga said, what he do?
Nigga
I don't
out there
suffer
just
Just
with
like
him.
look
a
at him,
predator
bro.
character flying on
He
me.
said, yeah, but why?
Little freaky
I'm
elbows.
saying
Pierced up
though, like,
squirrel
Should
I'm
looking
saying
express
ass
like,
nigga.
themselves.
fuck
Niggas.
though.
Y'all
A
niggas
freaky
That nigga
roach
said,
Who
looking
body
fuck
you
ass
with
nigga,
him.
say?
thought
man.
it was
That's how
Halloween.
you know we'll
You
really.
talking about some Tracy
You
do
feel me?
something,
My
nigga?
son to
He gotta
really
fight
drill
back.
y'all
Nigga, you
niggas
get on
like.
my ass, I'ma
Y'all
flame your
niggas
He's
is
a
motherfucking
Said
ass,
grown
nigga.
Tracy
ass
do
man,
Like,
something.
he
bro.
gotta
Big
fight back,
He
nigga.
said
baboon
at
looking
least
ass.
Tracy
Peace
Son to
Lord
involved.
really
head
drill
ass.
y'all niggas.
Wet
Bro, y'all
sock Y'all can't
Hold
y'all
on.
can't
Hey,
A
somebody said.
bisexual lightning
Somebody
bug.
said he cool as fuck. Yeah, he cool as fuck, but his ass like a freaky bed bug,
Now,
freaky
who the
roach
fuck
looking
just
ass
said
nigga,
that?
tap
That
dancing
bitch,
squirrel looking ass nigga,
that bitch
man.
look like something like a freaky
Nigga,
bad bug.
Oh,
Look
hell
at bro like
no.
this.
No.
And I ain't from
He look like
Mississippi,
a
nigga. I'm from
freaky
Made that
Mississippi.
nigga
bad
leave the
Flaming his
bug.
call,
ass
gang.
down.
Y'all made no, he didn't. He's still on the call. Wait, did he?
y'all
No.
finna
Oh,
Oh
boy, you
yeah.
better speak up for yourself.
He
You
sound like
can't. It's
a
too many
brick
people
wall.
talking.
Turn your
Pardon me,
camera back
CPU
on.
from
Check it
fool.
out.
He
Turn
on
that
this bitch
motherfucker off.
shivering
Nigga,
and
fight
frame his
back.
whole room back.
I would have told
Shut the
all you
fuck
niggas
up
to
so the
turn your
nigga fight
camera
back.
off.
Hold
Oh,
on.
I
Hey,
thought
say
you
that
was
nigga
finna.
like a
I
booty
ain't
know
gonna
drumming
what's
cap.
going on,
bamboo.
bro.
I ain't
Pardon
gonna
that.
cap
With
though.
CPU.
that's a
I ain't
shooter,
gonna cap
man. He
though.
know what's
The
going
Thank
niggas
you.
that's
on.
flaming though, that's not fair if y'all niggas don't got y'all camera
Okay.
on. Okay, y'all gotta get this
That's
nigga
what
a
I'm
Oh
target.
saying
yeah,
though. Y'all
I
niggas
gotta
yeah.
give
can't
him a
have
target,
camera on
gang.
the camera.
Y'all
Bro,
gotta give him a target, gang.
Sure.
Especially you
Hey,
Memphis niggas.
He
hey,
don't even
say
get no
fool.
fuck.
What
He
part of
finna just
It's
Mississippi you
spark
from,
up a
always
blood?
the
cigarette,
miscellaneous
folks.
niggas, bro.
Hold on,
Hey,
who
I
said
ain't gonna lie. It ain't
who
even
said they from
Memphis that been
Mississippi?
talking though. They crazy.
Nightmare on Elm Street.
Y'all
But
niggas
bruh,
going
ugly as
crazy.
hell though. We gonna start there.
Come on.
It look like a chicken like a
Ain't
OG,
no
fuck
ifs,
my
ands, or
Hey,
God.
buts.
Jay. Hey,
why the
hello.
hell we
Why
gonna
you just
start there?
smiling though, folks? You
Hey,
just smiling.
Because I don't give a fuck
And that
about none of
nigga
that
say
shit.
y'all get him.
that nigga,
Fuck it.
niggas, I'm just happy to be here. Ugly.
Exactly.
Oh shit.
Gotta
I'm
be my
just happy to
PTR.
Nigga
be.
Julius,
stupid.
boy.
He
Hey,
turned the
Julius,
light on.
turn that back
Glad I made
Turn
the
off.
the
point.
hat
Oh,
on.
turn that shit back off. Turn that back
Win.
off. Turn it back
He
off,
got the
please.
light.
That nigga got a bounce
Please.
house lip, park garage nose, and probably two
God
struggle
damn,
buses in this
Julius.
motherfucker.
Yeah, we
Damn.
on
Quincy, bring your ass here too. Boy, you like you just got out of prison 2 days ago. Get your nasty ass back. I'm going down the list. If you don't want me to say nothing, turn your camera off.
Hey, say
Hey, Ju,
He
stop
going
doing that
down the
out there,
Going
list.
down
dog.
the list.
Say, turn the camera off.
that
Take
Julius a
that,
whole
take
bro.
that Reggie Bush off the camera, folks.
Going down
Oh
I
Julius
shit.
a
told y'all that
whole
nigga just got
bro.
out of prison 2 days
Nah,
ago.
that
He
look like
ugly as hell.
Who got
GG4.
that? Who got
GG4,
hella
nigga.
shit going on?
That
Damn,
look like
Tracy
no
show up.
no
GG
We ain't buying
no.
nothing. We
That's weed,
selling.
That's
nigga.
some boogaloo.
What's that? Some highs, some lows, some
Come
Zai?
here,
What's that?
Captain
What we
Underpants.
That's
doing,
that
Hey, hold
Tracy?
on.
endo.
That's that man.
And that
That's
shit
that
Smoke up that
probably
man.
better than
endo.
what y'all smoking, man.
That's
That
called
ear.
tough.
Boy, make me
Hey,
want to smoke
Deshaun, your
weed.
ass ugly head. You trying to look tight and shit. You ugly
They
as
got
fuck,
they got
though.
that
Hey,
they smoking
Julius,
on that
what's your
bullshit.
goddamn,
I ain't
what's your
gonna lie,
shit,
they smoking
man?
on that
I'm on
bullshit in New
your
York.
ass,
What's
nigga.
going
It's
on?
cool because he had his hand on his head. Get your nasty
Hey,
ass back
Julius,
in the
Julius,
room,
what's your
man.
folks,
shit,
you just
man?
put
What's
some
your
Stop
dreads
Instagram,
in your
man?
lying nose
head.
head,
Them
nigga. You
dreads
hear me?
about to
Hey,
fall off
how
his
you got
head.
dreads with a receding hairline? Get your
Them
nasty
Fuck
dreads
what
ass
they
pulling
back
his
talking
here.
about,
head
bro.
over.
Hey, fuck what they talking about, bro.
All
What's
the
your
Clip on
shit,
It's a
man?
Dre.
What's
lead
your
up.
dreads go
Instagram,
bald
bro?
in the
Fuck what they
back.
talking
Off
Get
about,
the
your
nigga.
frame
ass
with
in.
He
dread.
got the form,
You
man.
got them shits off TikTok.
Man, that nigga got clip on
This
dreads.
shit magically appear.
Y'all worry
Hey,
about the wrong
y'all
shit.
know how
Man,
they
my
got the
shit,
clip on
Y'all
tie?
nigga worry about
This
the
guy clip
wrong
on
shit.
this
dreads.
hard work, nigga. This hard
Nigga,
work and dedication, nigga. Fuck you talking about,
Y'all
nigga.
crazy.
Taylor
nigga
is a
said it's hard work and
dreads ass
Nigga
dedication
nigga.
to get
said
I had to
dreads.
dreads,
drop
that's
these
dread.
things. Look,
Dre
only
Dre
niggas
looking
Lil
like
Reed know what's
Raymond.
Bone
going
dreads
on
ass
though.
nigga.
Damn,
Only
LeBron, your
niggas
uncle
know
ain't
what's
it,
going
Deshaun?
on with Dread.
LeBron, your uncle ain't it, Deshaun?
He
Who the fuck?
he unraveled
Who
the
was that?
dreads.
Who was that?
That bitch said LeBron, your uncle, ain't it?
My dreads
Boy,
ain't dirty.
Hey,
Uncle
somebody get
my
on
head
that. Hey,
ass
somebody
nigga.
get on that nigga.
Ain't.
Somebody get on that nigga Julius ass, bro. Nigga Julius Scott, bro.
I
Somebody get on that nigga
already
ass, bro.
Where
did,
he
bro.
at,
His
What
bro?
he
ass
look
got
like, bro?
them.
Where
Let's
he at?
What
go.
he
What
look
we
like?
Him
doing?
linking
That
with
nigga got a
dread.
camera off
And that
the
nigga
roof.
name
Yeah,
was
Hope head
Julius
ass nigga.
Scott.
hey, I ain't gonna
That nigga
lie.
look like
Hey,
Elvis
hey,
Presley. That nigga
God
got a
damn,
camera off.
LeBron, his daddy.
I ain't gonna lie,
That
bitch.
nigga.
Say that bitch Julius look like the little predator when they take
Nah.
off the
Hey, I ain't
mask.
gonna lie
That
though,
nigga,
Quincy, your ass
that
like you
nigga,
been
who
fighting for
that?
40
Who
Y'all
that
just
in
years.
made
my
him turn
house?
off
Oh
his
my
camera.
god. I'm just trying
Like,
to get a
who
little
that in
money,
my
man.
house?
Camera.
Your ass smoking a joint, his ass
Nigga
been
on my
fighting for
dick,
About,
man. I'm just trying to
49
get a little
hey,
years.
money,
folks,
man.
about
Let
who
my
that
shit
is in
breathe a
my
little bit.
house.
Hey, y'all know
Man,
what?
y'all got the females leaving. Hold on. The
That,
females leaving. Hold
that be
on.
like one of them
Oh,
Alien
boy,
versus
shut your
Predator
ass up.
motherfuckers.
Man,
Cyber
fuck
dating
the
Hey,
ass.
oh
hoes, nigga.
God,
You a
freaky
slut
ass
out
nigga, you
there.
freaky as
Fuck
hell
you
Then you
talking
talking
worry
about
about.
about
You
the
Julius.
fuck
wrong
around and
shit,
get
gang.
sold.
You a
Better
gold
see it.
monkey,
Ain't
nigga.
gonna
Nigga
be
coming
no
some money.
bitch.
Nigga talking
I
about
just
DJ,
want to
get
try
this
to
female.
little
get
ass
no
app out of
bitches.
here.
Lame ass
serious
on,
too.
nigga.
That
They ain't
boy
got
Little
no
ass
serious.
bitches.
monkey.
Talking about nigga got no hoes.
Dry,
No
dry.
Nigga better
filter
let
on
the
his
whole
phone. Got
be.
nothing
Nigga,
but
we
bitches.
Y'all
in
making
here
the
for money,
females
nigga.
Talking about
leave.
We here trying to get money, nigga.
Shut
We worry
your
about the whole
ugly
be.
Ain't
head
worried
ass
about
up.
the
females
hoes. We ain't getting
leaving
money.
for the
My
fall.
Oh
Nigga, the
God.
strip
God.
Tinder dick
club
ass
gang. Fuck
nigga.
you talking
Oh,
about.
gutter mouth
Oh my
nigga.
You
God.
know,
Talking
he got
about
The
all
hoes
internet bitches.
leaving.
He
He got
got
say
all
that
freaky
shit for
internet bitches.
Disney
bull.
gang.
Mr.
Y'all ought
Tender.
to be nigga,
Hey,
y'all
look
are the
at
best group
Marquez
ever, boy.
Pharaoh. Oh my God.
Oh, he going down the list. Who is that,
Oh
bro?
my
Oh,
Going
God.
down the
Brandon look
list, little
like
nigga
Sue
ass.
Surf.
Oh
Come
my
on,
He
God,
on
man.
nigga,
one.
y'all
Where
ass
he
I
better
ain't
get
gonna
them
lie, that
pictures and
shit
shit up
funny.
out of here,
Oh,
boy.
nigga said something about Sue Surf.
That
Oh
nigga look like Sue
shit.
Surf. Oh, fuck them.
You better
All
hope
right,
you
bro.
safe. I'm
All
going.
right.
Rono,
All right,
Rono, you're
Esco, what we
next,
doing,
Rono.
man? What we
That's
doing?
enough,
Nigga
man.
look like
Rono, you're
Kendrick
next,
Perkins,
Rono.
nigga. Get your
Let me get. All right, bro.
Oh, Ruben Studdard
Hey,
looking ass nigga. Oh, American Idol looking ass nigga.
Michael Blackson had that nigga.
Dre
See
Trey
y'all
look
nigga
like
done
Ray
ruined this
Shrimmer
shit,
ass
man.
nigga.
Shit this shit up, man. Y'all done fucked it up, man.
Hey,
Nigga.
bro. Let me
Where's
get back. Let me get
my
back
super
control
Oh,
of this
shoes?
bitch, bro.
Faison Love looking.
I
Let
don't
me
got.
get let me get back control of this bitch, bro. Y'all niggas are
All
hilarious, bro. I swear to God, that shit was just the funniest thing ever. Y'all the best group in the world, bro. God. Oh my God, bro. Y'all Memphis niggas got it, bro. I can't wait to come to Memphis. I swear to God, I can't. I can't wait to come to Memphis. Boy, that shit gonna have me in tears. Boy, y'all niggas stupid. Anywho, all right, nigga. I just wanted to say this because niggas keep asking me what we doing, and bitch, we being patient on. So I'm gonna just say this real quick, and then nigga, I'm finna get the ball field. Goddamn gold, nigga. I keep saying the same thing. I'm gonna get y'all to play one more game. No, we're not buying. I had heard niggas say that shit 15 times. The buys is dead. You know what I'm saying? We tried to go for buys, nigga. She confirmed otherwise that she does not want to buy. We are now going for sales. She closed below every bullish gap there is, nigga. You know what I'm saying? So with that being said, we know what she's aiming for. A nigga trying to take her down to prior these lows down here. He's out to come running. Excuse me, goddamn, come running bitches. You know what I mean? So next pullback up, once again, I think it's 2 areas she can sell from. I think it's going to be this one. You know what I'm saying? But I'm going to be looking for my confirmation from here to know she's ready to go. I'm hunting sales though, either from here, which is where I'm gonna start hunting the sales at. God forbid she break that bitch or she don't give my confirmation I need, then I'll just be a little bit more patient and wait for her to come run them highs that we was expecting to get ran anyway. Either way it go, I'm not buying anything. We're waiting for sales. You know what I'm saying? The sales is overly valid now. Once she pulls back to this gap right here, that's when I start hunting. I'm not just press a sale. I start hunting. Y'all know my confirmation at this point. Let it happen from there. You know what I'm saying? If that does not happen from there, look, let it happen from there. The sales into sales valid though. The sales overly valid. All right. So yeah, I mean, you see it from every goddamn time. Let me start deleting shit. Every time frame is confirming that sale at this point. You know what I mean? To go and run those motherfucking lows down there. So yeah, as I don't mean to sound repetitive, but next pull back up, take the sale back down. All right. This 15-minute BPR right here looks fucking beautiful. Down right there. You know what I mean? But I know that that's something she needs to break in order to get there. In order for her to get to that gap, which the same one we was looking at right here, it's on the 15-minute, she got to break this, which is why I start hunting sales here. And if she breaks that, then I know she's gonna go there. You know what I mean? And then I'll look for sales.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So that's how I'm playing this motherfucker. Just be a little bit more patient. Wait for the next pullback. Do not just press sell now. Wait for that pullback. But we should definitely see an expansion down the goddamn TP1, this low right here. Let me see the lower time frame real quick. Yeah, TP1, these lows right here. You know what I'm saying? TP2 coming to get about 50% of this book. I'm gonna type out the parameters once you give me the sale. But TP, I'm just giving y'all to play early just in case y'all catch it before me or I fuck around and fall asleep or something. I don't know. TP2 right here. 50, taking the 50% of this wick. So go to their goddamn brokers, find this wick right here and mark up the halfway point of that bitch. Taking 50% of the TP3 is gonna fill in the wick all the way, which is also running those lows. You know what I'm saying? And then that's where I'm kind of sitting on hands from there. Because it's still a big ass run on stops, breaker structure gap sequence, nigga. You know what I'm saying? Run on stops. Look at the bigger picture real quick. Run on stops. And then this big ass breakup. You know what I mean? So who's to know if this bitch gonna just run these motherfucking lows and then got them expand back up? You know what I'm saying? So goddamn, that's where I'm at with this motherfucker, bro. Short-term sales to come and run these motherfucking lows. And then from there, sit on hands. If she breaks structure bullish, we gonna buy that bitch all over again, take it all the way back up. If she keeps selling, nigga, she keeps selling. This what it is. All right. But that's where I'm at. So I want to get out the parameters one more time for the nigga just said, what's the goddamn parameters? All right. Once again, I am say it one more time. A nigga is hunting sales from one or two key areas, right? Here in this fair value gap. All right. Or getting back up to run this high, which is also, if I look at the 15-minute, a balanced price range, multiple gaps. So this 15-minute gap right up. You know what I'm saying? Either here or there is where I'm hunting sales from. I look for confirmations from there to know if she's ready to go. She don't get my confirmation, I sit on hands, I sell them. You know what I'm saying? We want these lows down here to get ran. If you catch you a sale, TP goes as follows. And once again, I will call it in the chat as long as I catch the fucking play. You know what I mean? That bitch happen if I'm sleeping while I'm playing 2K or something, nigga. Shit, deal what it is. And that's why I'm giving y'all to play prior. You know what I'm saying? So that y'all can catch that hoe. All right. TP1, low right there. Okay. TP2, find this wick right here. Get 50% of it. Drop a fib on that bitch. 50% of this wick. There. That's advanced trading theory that Price loves to fill in 50% of wicks. My students know that though. You know what I mean? TP3, that low, which is to the left, equal lows. All right, so getting that liquidity. And that's pretty much all I want to see from there. You know what I mean? Those are my TPs I get out there. You know what I mean? And then last question I see is goddamn, what's the confirmation? Until I let y'all nigga know this shit one more time. She need to do this verbatim, nigga. Come in this bitch. It's already liquidity there because she created a high right there. So she could just pierce that bitch and then fucking break down. Or, you know what I'm saying? Come in this bitch and create market structure. So come up this motherfucker, create a high, you know what I mean? And then run the fucking previous high she creates. You want to see a liquidity sweep inside of this key area and then a break of structure. You know what I'm saying? Then you know, all right, catch the pullback and sell it. If that verbatim does not happen from that 5-minute gap, and she ends up closing on top of that bitch, take her up there. Let her bitch pull up there. I might even call it a little short-term buy. Because goddamn, I might even got them just scalp it up there to the high. A nigga know if she close on top of that 5-minute gap, she go into that BPR. You know what I'm saying? But I ain't really worried about the buy no more. That's on some light trading against the trend type time. I ain't really worried about the buy no more. Really, what I want to see is, once again, if she don't give me this exact confirmation from this gap, I don't take it, and then I wait until this bitch gets here, and I look for the exact same thing. You know what I'm saying? That motherfucker run this high, break a structure down, then catch the pullback. That's the confirmation at all times, a liquidity sweep and then a turnaround. You know what I'm saying? So, if I can see that from here, I press sell, nigga. If I see that from there, I press sell. But, nigga, we looking for sales. All right. Once again, y'all got the TPs, each low on the way down to those equal lows. All right. Questions?
Yes, sir.
Any questions? Hell no. All right, good. All right.
I just need to get pushed over.
All right. I'm gonna get this. This is why I'm finna go ahead and do this shit.
Yeah,
I'm
just
finna
add
go
me
ahead
to
and
the
do this
chat,
shit now,
bro.
gang. I'm finna go ahead and do this shit now. All right.
Yo,
Good
T, I
call.
appreciate you, man, for real.
Nah, for sure. Good call. You know what I'm saying? We was in profit for a little so unfortunately we got hit with a little consolidation bullshit. You know what I'm saying? And she ended up dropping against us. We took a little bitch ass baby loss by buying that bitch right here inside this gap, throwing that stop right there below that low. Little bitch ass motherfucking loss. Ain't shit. Nobody be tweaking on that hoe. I hope y'all not. If he is, then shit, fuck it. I don't care. You know what I mean? We will spin back and get this motherfucker back in blood. We was going for buys off of a bullish key area. Well, nothing wrong with what the fuck we did, nigga. She just said that she won't got them fucking with us. You know what I mean? So with that being said, we get it back in blood because she confirmed that nigga no bulls, nigga bears. You know what I mean? So next pull back up, tell her ass back up to the downside. Get that shit right back in blood. Everybody get their money. All right? Does everybody understand what I'm looking for?
Dude.
Ones? Quick
Yep.
ones in the
Yeah,
chat.
yeah.
We on the same page for sure? All right, say that. Good call, man. You know what I'm saying? Everybody be looking for these sales. Make sure you get your pay back, nigga. I ain't, nigga. I'm from the streets, nigga. I ain't let a nigga take no money from me for my life. And this market ain't gonna do it neither. Oh, God. I'm finna get that shit back in blood, brother. You know what I mean?
And
So be ready for that.
another thing,
What
I'm
up?
gonna change my name.
Little bird ass nigga.
Bro, you still on
Is that
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 shit
same?
game?
That's
Like,
that
you don't
same
shut
nigga?
your ugly ass
Benjamin
up,
Button
folks.
They
over
ain't
there.
blew
Yeah.
his nose yet.
Like, fuck, get the fuck out of
Yeah,
here
well,
with
this
that
nigga
shit,
still
bro.
Still
playing his
tweaking.
ass.
He's still trying to
The
change his name. Okay.
Oh
Gang
man, we
said,
got it,
imagine
bro.
joking
You
on a nigga.
asking
He
us,
fuck
you
you
Talk
up at
fuck
next
grown
security
pull.
ass
of the
That's
niggas,
funny.
world,
bro.
And now
crackhead
he'll
Get the
ass
fuck
cover
nigga.
out of here,
himself.
bro.
Helium head ass boy.
Ugly head ass nigga.
That nigga
Fuck.
said
Yeah, they
poison.
cannot cheat.
He
That nigga
trolling.
said This nigga said poison dart frog here. But what the fuck, boy? Some of y'all niggas need to get better, get some better shit. Y'all need to go take a Memphis class.
Make it.
I need to
Oh
go to take
man.
a Memphis class, nigga.
For
He must like being flamed. That's the only reason why he would come on here and say some stupid shit like that.
Hey,
He like
he
that
gonna
shit.
beat a nigga up at the next event.
Nah, pause,
No,
bro.
so he
What you
fuck around
mean
and
that
catch one
nigga
of y'all
like
niggas
that
lack and
shit,
beat one of
bro?
y'all niggas ass. Oh, so it be them
Niggas
weird
gonna
ass niggas
switch
just
that
like
little
that.
nigga
Beat your
down.
motherfucking ass, nigga.
he
Doing
can't
all
even
that
come
on
in an
game.
event.
I ain't gonna lie.
They been
Motherfuckers
Oh,
them
what
been
the
niggas
fuck
calling
you
switch
me
saying?
that
The
some
Zoom
market and
call?
dog.
shit.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
folks.
Cover that bitch in
I
the
ain't
school
gonna lie,
shooting shit,
cuz them
nigga.
folks said, yo, got it.
See, bro,
The
that's the shit we
fuck?
talk about right there. All right, y'all. Good night.
Lame as hell.
Yeah, lame ass
Good night,
nigga.
A nigga
motherfucker.
saying like he